Today, I became a firefighter in Among Us to help save my crewmate friends. There's 2 imposters in our lobby, and they can both throw Molotovs to start a fire. Whoever's in that fire can die, so as firefighter, I need to extinguish them and make sure that nobody gets killed. Let's try and figure out who the imposters are in this game. Somebody here is going to be a firefighter, and they have to help defend against the imposters. They're going to throw a bunch of Molotovs everywhere. So let's hop into it. And now it's time to mute up. I got the firefighter role first. And over here, I can see I have a water tank and an extinguisher. What happens if I pull out the extinguisher? Whoa. Any fires that these imposters throw will be put out by me. And we already have a sabotage going. Okay, wait, hold on. I got to make sure that no fires are being spread anywhere. There's also fire hydrants around the map that I can use to fill up my water tank. So if I go over here and I just stand here, the water fills up. Then I can use my extinguisher on anyone. So let's make sure there's no fires being put out over here. Is anybody being sus? Uh-oh. Where's the dead body?
Oh my god, it was a firefighter.
I think it's down by where you can do the octagons task.
Oh, the little shields.
Yeah, shields.
Okay. Was this possibly a self-report?
No, I literally just did a task in electrical. Shady saw me.
Oh, okay. Shady, you can vouch?
I don't know about that, but I saw you walk up in there.
I literally did the wires task next to you.
All right, I guess I'll give it to her.
So are you sus of anybody then, Mia?
It's Nico.
Really, Peanut?
That is crazy.
I'm for Nico.
These accusations are insane. I think this guy's getting mad Jester vibes.
I don't think we need to vote anybody. I think we just skip.
Yeah, I think we skip.
No, it's him, I tell you.
I don't know if I can trust you, Peanut.
Listen to me.
I think it's the peanut.
Oh, no.
Okay, the Peanut seems to be blaming Nico very heavily, but it doesn't give any evidence. And Mia is blaming Shady. So it's either Mia, Peanut, Shady, or Nico. What if I just follow Mia around? If she throws a Molotov, then I'm gonna extinguish that thing, because I got the hose out. I dare any imposter to throw a fire right now. Okay. I'm not really sure where Mia went. She could have vented somewhere. But either way, if I'm not... Oh, there's a fire right here. Yo. Okay, what the Martin?
2 people are dead?
I watched them both walk into that and die.
Mia, you were standing right next to it.
No, I couldn't report the body. If I walked in, I was dead.
Okay, well, I'm sorry, Mia, but I followed you all the way through that right side of the map. And then that's where the fire was.
No, I did not set that. I am telling you on Nico's life, I did not set that.
Yeah, you cannot swear on Nico's life. He's already dead.
It literally was not me, I'm telling you.
Guys, I'm pretty sus of Mia. I'm not gonna lie. It's the only person it could be in my books.
Yeah, she was lying about the wires task, bro.
No, I wasn't!
You sus.
Mia, you are sus.
I didn't do anything!
I don't know.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. You know what? Maybe I just should have walked into the fire and tried to report it.
They finna get a double kill, bro.
I know. I say we vote Mia out.
No. I say we vote Cash.
No.
Get her out.
I don't know.
Peanut, please, you gotta believe me. Come on!
In a way.
I'm the firefighter, okay? Everybody knows it's not me. They trust me.
Oh my god.
And she was an imposter. Okay, we got one. And I have a feeling the Peanut's the second imposter. For some reason, he's been a little sus. I just gotta figure out how to shoot water. If I use Q, it can actually spray anywhere. So, is there any fires that need to be put out anywhere? Let's check up here. Since I'm sus of the Peanut, I feel like... I knew it! Did the Peanut throw that fire? He must have. Is the Peanut trying to kill Meebo or something? I'm watching. Hey, yo. Oh, we already got a sabotage going on. I gotta go help. I feel like a fire might be thrown on that sabotage. Peanut, you're not gonna get away with this. I know it's you. All right, where are they at? Mr. Peanut, are you gonna throw a fire on me? He threw a fire down here. I saw it. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta fix this. I gotta go report the Peanut. We gotta go tell everybody that he threw a fire. Wait a second. What if he killed someone, though? I feel like he definitely got a kill while I was up there. Peanut? There better not be a fire or a dead body anywhere around this map. I'm sus. Okay, I'm not seeing one. I'm gonna press the button. Guys, I saw the Peanut throw a fire on the reactor. I watched it. Oh, wait, it's a Shady. Peanut, you killed somebody.
No.
Yeah, you did.
Why did it me?
You killed Zoe.
Uh-uh.
I think we vote Peanut here, Shady. You know I'm the firefighter.
I know you're the firefighter, so I think I have to go with that.
Yes.
You have the firefighter hat.
I'm sorry, Peanut. I was already sus of you.
In a way, boy.
Let's see if we're correct. Pretty sure we are because I literally saw it.
I almost got away with it.
We will win because I know you are my firefighter brother.
Yes!
Yes.
We barely clutched that up.
Ew.
Okay, we going again. Let's see who gets firefighter this time. And I got it again. I think my luck is just up today. So that means everybody knows I'm safe. Everybody on the map can see that I'm trustable, but that also is kind of bad because what if the imposter sees me as a firefighter and then they kill me? I'm just gonna keep my extinguisher out. Any fires that I see will be extinguished, especially from you, Miner. Wait, is the Miner also a firefighter? Huh, he could be. Maybe he's my firefighter brother. I don't know. I'm gonna say that he's safe for now. Lights got turned out. Is there a fire over here, though? Doesn't look like it. Is Nico about to vent right now? I'm gonna try and do this task. I swear, if you throw a fire on me right now, I'm gonna be sad. All right, let me get out of here. Yo, Nico, what you doing? Nico, what you doing? I'm watching you. Hello, Mia. Does there happen to be a fire over here? Hello, Zoe. Huh, no fires, but the miner came out of there. Juliet came from up here, and there's nobody in medbay. Huh.
Oh my god.
Was there a fire? Meebo's dead. All right, Juliet, what info do we got?
I saw Bebo die.
Where at?
I didn't say who did it, but it was in electrical.
In electrical? Hey, wasn't Nico there like most of the time?
Bro was twiddling his fingers in there.
No, he was in the admin realm.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
They ran into the vent super duper fast.
Well, if she didn't see who it was, then I guess we have no info. But you guys know that I'm the firefighter, and I think the miner is too.
Yeah, I definitely think the miner is.
I think we both might have gotten firefighter.
Guys, I am a crewmate. Want to preface that?
I know who it is,
Who is it?
It's Nico.
but I'm not gonna say
Why not?
because it was embarrassing.
Okay, I think in that case we skip.
In that case, it's Mia.
No, bro.
Just remember there's 2 imposters, so we gotta get them out as quick as we can.
True. They're gonna start burning everyone. They're gonna burn me to a pulp.
I'll save you, don't worry.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, nah.
Twists hair in delight.
What did Shady just say? I'm just gonna ignore that. Let me just go do my task, because it doesn't seem like the imposters are killing very quickly anyways. So I could get a couple of these done while they go out and get some kills. Boom. All right, now let's go over here. I want to make sure that all my tasks are actually complete, so I'm not being a bad crewmate. Because I know I'm supposed to put out fires, but I'm also supposed to do these every now and then. Am I about to see a fire somewhere around here that I have to put out? Hello? Any fires? Doesn't look like it. This door closed on me, and I feel like there might be a fire behind it. Oh, and Nico's dead body is here. Anyone around? Is anybody around? Doesn't look like it, but I don't think it's Shady because he came from here. Are they in medbay? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Where is everybody at?
O2?
O2.
I don't even know what it's called. Reactor?
Reactor?
Yes.
Mia, you vented there after you brutally murdered Nico.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Shady, did you see Zoe in O2? Was she there?
Well, I got locked out of cafeteria, so I wasn't there for a while.
I just ran out of electrical. Okay, miner.
You little punk.
I know it's not Shady.
Why am I in the crossfire?
Oh, you're not in the crossfire.
Miner, are you also a firefighter?
He is.
Okay.
Mia, you were in the direct line of fire, you little punk.
Dude, I did not kill him.
You killed him.
How am I sus?
Juliet and Mia are the killers.
It's Juliet.
Juliet, I don't think you're safe too. I know.
I haven't even seen Juliet once, to be fair. What?
I know what you did to Meebo, Juliet.
What did you do?
Cash and Miner, come to Medbay with me. I have something to talk about.
Okay, we don't need a vote on 7.
I'm voting Juliet.
Yeah, let's all go to medbay.
No, you're not invited.
You're sus, Mia.
Oh, I'll be attending. I'll be attending.
You little punk.
Okay, I have a feeling it actually is Mia, because if she was in reactor, then she could have been the only one there to kill Nico. But Shady wants us to come to medbay, so let's watch him. And I'm gonna keep my extinguisher out just in case any fires want to be thrown. Okay, Shady is doing medbay. He's safe. Yo, who just threw that molly? Who was that? Who did that? I didn't even really see it. Hey,
Zoe, what the heck was that?
who threw that?
What do you mean?
Zoe, I saw you throw those.
I was literally on medbay.
It came from medbay, no?
Now it's kidding.
You little punk. You think you can just throw Molotovs in there while I'm trying to submit my scan? Mia?
Bro, these Molotovs are making me so mad. They don't even aim.
Mia?
Yeah, no, you kind of missed there, Mia. Sorry.
Dude, I would have burned all of you. All of you would have been dead.
Vote her out. She doesn't know that it throws on your cursor.
You're kidding, dude.
Nah, she didn't even know.
You little filthy punk. You really thought you could get away with that? Get off my ship now.
Okay, why is Shady talking like that? Now we just got one more imposter to find. So whoever wants to throw a molly, now's the time to do it. Because I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you in the act. And Zoe's acting real sus right now. She's going to try and throw a molly. I'm going to keep my extinguisher out because I don't trust her. Zoe, get away from me. Shady's good. I know he's safe. Zoe definitely can't make it to electrical in time. And there's a dead body.
Dude, I think Juliet killed the peanut.
Yeah. Where was the body, Juliet?
No, I didn't.
Are you sure?
Peanut was on electrical. Fixing lights.
Or it could be Zoe.
No, it wasn't Zoe. You and Zoe were both up top, and neither of you went to electrical. And if Miner's firefighter, then that means it has to be Juliet.
Agreed. Order in the court.
I like our odds. Juliet has been sus since the beginning.
I don't know. I think we vote Juliet here.
Somebody must have vented.
If it's Zoe, I'm gonna be really angry. Just saying.
It's not Zoe.
If it's Zoe, then I would actually be so surprised on how she was at the top of the ship when that happened.
Yeah, you're not safe.
Wait, what? She actually wasn't?
It's not me.
Hold on, I'm so confused. How is it not Juliet? What in the world is going on? So I guess I'll fix electrical, but if it's not Juliet, there's no way it was Zoe. Could it be the miner and maybe he has a fake firefighter hat on? Is he actually a firefighter or no? I don't trust him. Any fires around here, huh? No, it doesn't look like it.
I'm not gonna be having none of that in my lobby.
What in the world is going on? Miner said I am being chased.
Dude, I could have killed you like multiple times. I'm just following you. I think it's shady. I'm gonna be real. It's not me.
Shady medbade.
Zoe, I want you off of my ship now, you little punk.
And I know it's not me though. Like, actually.
I don't think we have to vote here.
Yeah, who's not doing their tasks?
It's honestly me. Let me do some of my tasks so we can get this over with.
All right, I'll stay near you, Big Papa.
I have no idea why Shady's talking like that. It's kind of getting annoying. Let me just be an actual crewmate and do the rest of these because I am lacking right now. I got one in admin and one in comms. So let me just go here. I'm going to do my little card swipe. Boom. And someone's definitely going to die, aren't they? I don't care. I'm just going to go do my last task. What they going to do about it? Comms is right here. I just got to do this download and we win. There's literally one task at the top of the screen. I see, oh, and we lost.
Wow, I ran into fire.
So why does the miner have the firefighter hat on?
He has a cosmetic.
That is cheap.
Okay, we're going again. Let's see if I can get it 3 times in a row. I really hope I do. Oh, never mind. It looks like I got crewmate, but that's completely fine. Now, who's the firefighter? It's Zoe. Okay, so I'm staying near her because I know she is not sus at all. Let me just go do my tasks first. I know the imposters have a cooldown in the very beginning, so they're not going to kill that quickly, to be honest. Let me just destroy all these first. There we go. That's done. And boom. And the peanut just hopped out of a vent. I saw that, peanut. Peanut, why'd you hop out of a vent?
What do you mean? Whoa.
I saw it. He hopped out. He went straight into cafeteria.
Cash did weapons. He's clear.
Thank you, Meebo.
That's enough for me. Get him off the ship.
Yeah, Shady saw it too. We saw you hop into cafeteria.
Exactly.
Guys, I did nothing.
I don't trust it. I got my vote locked in.
I think he's engineer. I'm gonna be honest.
Well, that was quick.
Oh no, Juliet.
No!
I crashed.
Someone voted for her.
Yo, it's a rainbow. God, no way.
Oh, that was kind of cool.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky.
One imposter down. Was Juliet the other one? She was not. Okay, so that means somebody else here is also an imposter. I'm gonna stay near Zoe. I trust her, although I do have to do my tasks. She's kind of just wandering around. I think it's because she's gonna look for a fire first. When you're a firefighter, it's kind of hard to do your own tasks because you want to make sure that everybody's safe. But the good thing is she's immune to fires. You can walk into them and do whatever you want. Hello, Zoe. Okay, I don't know why she's staying in electrical. I feel like she should be walking around a little more. Shady and Nico came from here. Is Nico trying to chase down Shady right now? I honestly have no idea. I don't have anything in med bay. Mia came from this side and no fires yet. If I see one of you guys running away from a fire, I'm most definitely gonna report you to the police, maybe to the FBI. Hey, yo, I need somebody here at reactor. We gotta fix this immediately. Meebo, Shady, yes. Let's go. Okay, Meebo and Shady were up there. Zoe's running around like a fire truck, but it doesn't look like anybody's thrown anything yet. Meebo's a little sus to me. Nico is too. Okay, still no kills somehow. I'm looking around and I'm not seeing anything. Let's just do our shields task. Boom, boom. Let's go to communications and finish our last task. Then we can just look around. I gotta do this long download and done. All right, it's time to look for bodies or fires. I think I have one last upload up in admin, but as long as there's nobody near me that's dead, we're good. And boom, done. Okay, Mia and Meebo both came from here. Mia just threw a fire at Nico and missed. That was kind of embarrassing. And then Nico just died.
You're kidding, right?
Nico took one for the team. Mia threw a Molotov and Nico walked into it.
Yeah.
It hit him, and he lived.
You know there's a small cooldown for when it hits, Mia. I don't think she knows how to use the Molotovs.
Get that little punk off my ship.
Guys, I have med bay.
You do not have med bay. We saw you throw it.
Wasn't me, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah, even Meebo saw it.
Meaner skipped.
And we got the second imposter. Yes, let's go.
Me, yeah. What the heck?
All right, let's go again. What role am I gonna get? And I got crewmate. I'm muted up so they can't hear me. Looks like the firefighter is Mia this time. Okay, so she's the safe one. I need to stay around. Although I have no tasks over here, so goodbye. I have to go down to communications and do that first. I definitely have a download over there. Oh, and let me do these lights too. Down at communications. Let's just finish all the bottom row tasks while we're here. Might as well. Before I die. I feel super vulnerable from the firefighters right now. If they're not near me, then I could so die to a molly while I'm trying to do a task. All right, anybody up here? No, let me just do this upload. I like doing the boring tasks first so I could just get them out of the way. Now I could just run around and see. Did Juliet kill someone? Zoe's dead. No. Where's the body?
Mia, there was a corpse where you came from, but you're the firefighter.
Dude, you know it. I'm just blind, bro.
There was a corpse outside of navigation.
Outside of navigation, so I'm pretty sure it wasn't Juliet because she came from the bottom left, but I'm not gonna vouch for anyone.
I saw Nico over there, but I didn't see the corpse, so I didn't even see Zoe.
I'm in cafeteria, bruh.
Yeah, that's by Nav, right?
Where were you guys?
I was in admin and I came from comms.
So he vented into admin. That's what I'm hearing.
Mia, you passed by me while I was in comms.
I did see him in comms.
I am not getting vouched for at all.
I don't have any info. All I know is I saw light blue, but I did not see any purple, so I can't say he did it.
I guess we'll skip.
Okay, let's skip it then. Gosh, Mia can't even vouch for me, and she saw me at the bottom of the ship. Why? Nah, it's okay. I think they know I'm not sus. They're just trying to mess with me. They always like doing that. I'm a friendly crewmate trying to get my task done over here. I do not need all of this right now. Okay, let's check all around. I have a task in electrical, so I want to go do that too. Mia came out of here. No one's dead. Meebo, Shady. Okay, good. Nico's trying to run up on me while I'm in electrical. I don't like that. Am I about to see a Molly get thrown? Okay, no, we're good. Meebo, don't try and pull something right now. There's a fire here. And Peanut. Yo. All right, I think Peanut just got a double kill. Oh, never mind. No, it was just a single kill. Okay, well, it's Peanut. He threw a fire on Reactor and then killed Meebo.
No. It was Cash. He's lying to me.
That is not true. Me and Meebo went to Reactor to fix the sabotage, and then he just killed him in cold blood. It was messed up.
Is he the jester?
Guys, I was doing zombie things. He saw me, and the Cash came in and killed right behind me.
Word.
Yeah, I was in zombie things.
That is not true.
Do one of you have medbay?
I don't know. But I literally saw the Peanut kill 100%. So if it's not him, then you could vote me out.
Guys, I am at me.
No, he's just trying to survive one more round.
What do you mean?
We'll see you, Medbay, then. We will watch.
I don't know why we're voting on 7, bro.
Brother.
We don't have to, but I'm just 100% sure. I saw it happen.
No, you did not.
Well, I have medbay, if that helps.
You're the firefighter, Mia.
You right, that's me. Say it again.
All right, let's see you, Medbay, Peanut.
Oh, I admit.
He definitely does not have it. I literally just saw him kill, but I guess we'll see. All right, Peanut, show it to us. Where's the Medbay at? Ah, he's lying. He does not have Medbay. Miner has Medbay, though, so I know he's safe, and I know Mia is safe. So only 2 people right now are safe to me. And Peanut just threw a fire. Yo, Mia, get rid of it. Mia, get rid of it. Yes, okay, we're good. And someone just got killed.
Whoa!
Why you kill the firefighter? Why?
I got one.
That was just messed up. See, y'all should have believed me. I told you.
Sorry, they killed our firefighter.
He did not medbay. He faked it.
I got the firefighter.
By the way, Miner did medbay, so he is safe.
I saw that.
It's totally not Nico.
It's not me. The Peanut just has an agenda with me.
And that's one imposter down. There's one more in the game we gotta find. We gotta figure out who it is. So let's see. I feel like it actually could be Nico, because the Peanut mentioned his name. I know it's not the Miner, and I don't think it's Shady either. So you know what? Let's just complete some of these. I know they're probably not gonna kill right now. They're gonna wait. I have a medbay task, but it's not the scanner. It's just this. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Boom, perfect. This one's the anomaly. Done. Now let's check around. I feel like I should follow Nico around. Or Juliet, because she was right next to the kill too. Juliet could be very sus here. The lights are going out. Oh gosh. Yo, it was Shady the entire time. Are you serious? I cannot believe that. He actually tricked me so well. And I don't think anyone's even gonna find him. We don't have a firefighter to save us anymore. Yo.
Oh yeah, Molly! Grenade!
Nah. I can't believe it. You were the last person I actually expected. I thought you were safe.
Dude.
Alright, I'm tryharding this round. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Whoever the imposters are getting figured out by me immediately. Oh, and Mia's the firefighter again. Okay, so I know she's safe and I gotta make sure she doesn't die. Let's go over here and do all these leaves. And we gotta stay by her. The strategy that the imposters are probably gonna do is gonna be to target the firefighter first. So I gotta make sure she doesn't get killed. Miner also went over here, but now he's gone. He could have vented. Okay, we're good. Oh, nah. Yo, am I about to get sprayed? Someone's gonna throw a molly and I don't like it. Better not throw a molly through that door, Shady. I don't trust it. Okay, Mia, are you gonna go ahead and, you know, walk somewhere else? I want to stay with you, but okay, she's just playing with the water hose right now. I'm not sure why she's doing that. Shady, better not kill her. Okay, looks like we're good. Miner came from up there, but I don't trust that. Is there gonna be a fire that I walk into? Huh. Oh!
Okay, I did not kill her. She just moved into the fire, and that fire's been there for a while.
Zoe, you lying.
No, I'm not lying. Who was on cameras? Because whoever was on camera saw the fire was there.
Meebo placed the fire, ran away, and I just stood next to it the entire time.
Wait, so you did the same thing as me?
Zoe, you walked in, and then Julia was the one with me, and then she died, and then you reported it.
I reported it.
No, I saw Cash. Wait, where were you?
I was in cams.
Oh, so you saw it.
And Meebo can vouch?
I can vouch.
No, I'm blaming Meebo. Meebo put the fire and ran.
That's messed up, Meebo.
I did not.
Okay, well, I know it's not Mia or Shady for that kill at least. Or I think the Miner either. Because everyone was running to electrical. And I went up and then I saw fire.
So who do we think it is?
If Nico's saying Meebo threw a fire at him, I say we vote Meebo.
And I turned green. What if it was a miner?
Alright, Nico, if it's not Meebo, we have to vote you though.
That's okay.
Skip.
Let's see if Meebo's one of them. Meebo was an imposter.
Oh my god.
Okay, so now we know that Nico is safe. Since he got Meebo voted out, that definitely clears him. And we know it's not Mia. I don't know if anybody has medbay. I would clear the Miner and maybe Shady because they were at the bottom there, but they could have just gotten lucky and not been in the spot. Mia, make sure we don't die to a fire over here, please. I swear, if one of you guys throws a Molotov, I'm gonna be very sad. bad. I better not get mollied over here. Okay, I think we're chilling. Oh, nah. We keep getting trapped everywhere. Okay, Miner, Zoe, Peanut. Miner and Zoe are gonna go up here. And we have a sabotage. Peanut, you better not kill me here. Peanut, I'm watching you. He's gonna try and throw a fire on me. I'm just gonna fake this. Okay, never mind. 52818. What? Where was it?
The miner killed, didn't he?
He did. He did. I don't want to do this, but he did.
Where did he kill?
O2?
Oh, on the other O2?
Yeah. Like the actual O2 room.
I could see it.
Wait, so the right side O2, right? So it was Miner.
Yes.
Okay, because we were all on the other O2.
I saw my gang. If me and my gang pull up, you better get to running.
Yeah, what?
Bro, he said he's in reactor.
It was the green boys.
What do you mean it wasn't the green boy?
No, it was the green boys.
Oh, it was the green boys. Meebo and Miner. The green M's were the imposters. What y'all trying to do for 80 seconds? Yo, Miner, you gotta vote something. He wasted our time.
Come on.
My attention span.
Miner.
Were we right? Miner was an imposter. We were right. Oh, yeah, we're dubbing.
Oh my goodness, firefighter. Let's go.
Let's go. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played Among Us with 10 people. We added a ton of roles to the game as well, so everybody gets something cool, unless you're the one person who doesn't get anything. And we added 2 imposters with a janitor. This means they can clean up bodies whenever they want. We're back with more 10-player Among Us, which is basically total chaos. Let's see what we get. And now I'm muted up, and my role is imposter. Me and the Peanut are both imposters. Oh, yes. This is so amazing. I love it. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go left first. Usually, I like to camp on cams, and then I like to get a kill and just vent out of there. I'm just gonna sit right here, and then if Peanut wants to follow me, yeah, that's good. He can clean up any kills that I may do. All right, let's go. I might get a kill down here somewhere. He's the janitor, which means if I get a kill, he could just clean up a body and nobody will see. It doesn't look like anyone's up here. Okay, very interesting. We gotta find somebody that's alone. Maybe VMT up here. No, I don't want to kill there yet. I'm gonna kill right here. Boom. And then he cleaned it up. I think we're chilling. Nobody saw Nico's dead body. This is perfect. Hello?
Interesting.
Oh, there it is. Okay. I think could be Meebo and VMT.
I think so too.
Meebo and VMT. What did I do?
All right, so I was watching Nico closely, and then he ran to the hallway. I don't know. Maybe Meebo was a little slow. It could be. I think it's Squid and VMT.
No, Squid's clear for sure.
What? Okay, wait. Why am I still in there? What did I do?
Wait, why is Squid clear?
We did the same tasks, and he stood there at the same amount of time as me on download and upload.
Can we explain what I did?
Meebo and VMT came together from Nav and ran to the bottom storage, and Nico went right towards Nav, and now he's dead. And
Yeah, that's where Nico walked.
VMT and Meebo don't know what happened.
I passed Nico through shields. He passed by me. Yes.
I only saw Nico at admin, and then I think I also saw Squid in admin too, right?
No, I mean I was watching him. He was in admin. I saw him. I went down to lower what is it called? I went down to storage, like the bottom part. Saw him go into the hallway with communications and shields, and then I walk back in there. I think I see Squid walk out first, then VMT, then Meebo, and then there was someone else there as well. I think it was Miner.
The miner and I are in storage.
Maybe not Miner.
Huh.
But I don't remember who I saw last. There was 4 people though.
I just know Meebo and VMT were together for a good while.
I think that's safe. You can suss out those 3 people. I think Squid, Meebo, and VMT are pretty sus.
Okay.
All right.
Because it is janitor, right?
Yes.
Okay, janitor, imposter, yeah. So.
Is there anybody we can clear? Like, does anybody have medbay?
I mean, I really think Squid's clear. Like, he did the same tasks as me.
Was there anyone that's sus that can clear themselves?
I have medbay.
I think Meebo did run by me, so I mean I guess that sounds like he was in the direction of Nico.
Okay. If Meebo has medbay, then it's VMT and Squid.
Okay.
So let's go watch.
Let's watch him scan.
It's not me, bro.
Let's go watch.
Okay, this is good. Nobody has any suspicions. Let's go. We will go to medbay together, me and the Peanut. We are a very good duo. All right, Meebo, let's see you do this. Very interesting. Okay, he does have medbay. That is good. That is great. And now I think we should do a lights out sabotage. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. We gotta go. Oh, we gotta go. Everybody run. Everybody run. Go fix the lights. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Did anybody see that? I don't think anybody saw that. I'm gonna vent out of here. Goodbye.
Okay.
Shady's dead.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Did you see that? I'm not the only one who saw that, correct? Because it's Peanut.
I didn't see him die, but...
Bro, there's There's no way I didn't see that. You didn't see him die because we were all on like something in the admin room. I clicked off my task and I see Shady's body disappear underneath Peanut's feet.
Oh.
I was with Mia in cams, so we were nowhere near that.
Oh, nah.
All right, so Peanut was an imposter, I'm assuming.
He was the janitor.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, no, Squid was with me, and Squid could have killed me. Squid is clear.
Took care of that one.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
He's just got to be clear. He could be really good at faking, but I don't think those were faked. He didn't have to do that. But I don't know who it is. I really don't.
Yeah, I don't really either. I was on card swipe, so I didn't really see it.
Okay, well, now you know it's not me because I just snitched on Peanut. I think it's Meebo.
Well, Meebo did medbay.
Didn't Meebo medbait? Yeah, Meebo medbait.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, he did. I'm kidding.
Meebo just medbait, so I'm completely clearing him. Okay, well, we could just skip here if there's only one imposter.
Could be Juliet, but I don't know. Wow, it's not me.
On my soul, it's Meebo.
True.
If it's Squid, I'm gonna be hurt.
It is not me. It is not me.
Okay, that was honestly a really bad kill. To be completely honest, I should not have done that because there was way too many people around, but I assumed the lights were off. All right, let's keep going. We move this way. I'm just gonna go on cams and then sabotage whenever someone comes nearby. Let's see. Is anybody coming over here? Doesn't look like it. We might actually be chilling. Okay, maybe I should kill while I'm over here. I don't really know. Okay, let's go up here. It looks like that vent's closed, so I can't use it. I could probably kill Meebo just because he's unsus. He we did medbay. Let's go out from here. Check. There's someone in lower engine, someone in cafeteria, one person's in weapons. I could go kill the person in weapons. Let's just kill right here. Reactor time. Uh-oh. That might have been an obvious kill. Nah.
No!
I think I know who it is.
Oh.
Okay, so I saw BMT and Meebo together and Cash. So it's either the miner or Juliet. It's one of those two.
Okay.
What the miner talking about? Where'd I come from?
Miner is asking VMT, where'd you just run from?
What you mean? I'm with Meebo.
Yeah, BMT was with Meebo the whole time. I watched it.
Next to navigation. Yeah, and Mia clearing me too. Now what? Miner throwing the blame pretty fast.
Miner, are you being sus?
I was on cams.
Miner throwing the blame.
It's not the miner. It was okay. So then it's got to be Juliet. It's got to be.
Wait, are we unsussing the miner?
I haven't really seen the miner.
I ran past VMT and now I find a dead body.
Now I know you lying.
No, it's not me.
I don't think it's the miner.
What if the miner self-reported?
Okay.
However,
That's true.
I do believe there is a imposter dead, so we don't have to vote here.
I guess.
That's true.
If I die, it's miner.
Where was the body at, miner?
Storage.
Dude, I saw someone running out of storage, but I couldn't catch their name.
What color were they?
I saw feet. So the feet were ahead of VMT and Meebo, but like not in their line of sight.
Okay, yeah. I'll just skip here since we're safe. If there's one imposter, 6 people, we're probably chilling.
I think we're chilling.
Yeah.
VMT.
Wow, who the... What?
Okay, well, this is not good. I need to find a really smart kill here to do. Maybe I'll just go this way. I'm gonna go down here and pretend to do this task right here. And then maybe I should close all of the doors and then turn out lights. I could also kill VMT while he's down here. Yeah. All right, let's sabotage and let's turn out lights. Then we're gonna vent and go up this way. Let's go up here to the top of cafeteria and then we will come down. All the doors closed for me. Let's go over here and vent and then I'll stand here with Mia. Let's come out of this vent and then we'll go up. Juliet. VMT is dead. Oh no. Does that mean it's the miner?
No, oh my gosh.
Okay, so it might not be VMT. Well, yeah, VMT is dead now. I also,
I saw it on cams by navigation.
Oh.
Okay. Wait, where's navigation? Where am I at? I'm weapons.
I was about to come up to navigation. I was coming through storage.
Okay, I was about to go to navigation as well.
Yeah. Wait, where?
I was with miner the whole round. Cash is sus.
Can vouch, I did see Meebo and the miner together.
Okay, well, I also know Meebo's safe because he medbayed, but it's not me. I was walking all the way through the entire cafeteria the whole time. I went down and then came around back up.
It's Juliet or Cash.
Cash and Juliet are sus to me.
I believe so as well, but I can't decipher which one it is, and I don't want to throw. We could skip. We could skip. You're right, miner.
I don't want to be 100% sure that the miner's safe, but if Meebo's vouching him and Meebo's safe, then I think it is probably Juliet.
You're suspicious.
I am very suspicious right now. This is bad. I think I need to kill Meebo here because he's sus of me. I'm just going to go down and camp the cams. I do not want to die right now. I really would not like to. Okay, you know what? I will kill you, and then I'm going to turn on O2, and then we will go this way. Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Nobody can see. Nobody can see. Run, 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 run. Mia, do it. Oh my goodness. Oh, nah. Miner just closed the doors. Hey, yo, who closed the doors on me?
Wait a second. You were just with the miner, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
So who is it? You just saw me too.
So it has to be Juliet. It has to be Juliet. She was the only one out of there.
No, the body was in electrical.
In electrical.
You're sailing. doing?
Mia died before I saw Cash. Well, I was with Mia the whole time. She could vouch for me for that, when the O2 went off.
I'm gonna be honest, I can vouch. He watched me mess up that code 3 times.
I did. I was wondering why you were taking so long, but then you finally did it.
I saw it on admin. It was during the oxygen event. Where were you before the O2 event?
Wait, who's she asking? Is she asking
I think she's asking you.
me? I came from the cams. I went down and then came around.
I really think it's Juliet, I'm gonna be honest. But
I think so too.
I don't know. Let me see what the miner's saying.
I'm like sure of it because she was the only one not there with us.
Meebo died before I saw Cash. We can't vote wrong here. Wait, so we don't know for sure if Cash is safe then.
I mean, Mia, you saw me that entire time. We don't have to vote, but I can stay with you guys.
I went from cams to oxygen to admin. It has to be Cash. Dude, we can't vote wrong here. Like,
Yeah, true.
dude, I feel like you're smiling. I feel like it's you.
I'm not smiling. I don't know how to prove myself to them.
I'm gonna, you know what? Shoot or shoot.
Did you vote me?
No, I voted Juliet. I think it's her.
Oh, okay. I think so too.
I'm nervous.
Okay, this is good. I can put all the blame on Juliet. I like it. I'm gonna go this way and just camp on cams. I think that's the move here. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Juliet's right there. I can't have her die. I don't want that to happen. Hello, everybody. Welcome. I don't see anybody on cams over here. I'm just gonna stick with the whole group. I hope the peanut can close some doors for me. Okay, miner's still alive. That's good. I think everyone's gonna complete their tasks. Let's keep going. Keep going. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Hey, bruh. Let's go. Oh, I knew it. That door was closed on us. Okay, let's just keep going this way. Looks like everyone's just gonna move as a group. Hey, bruh. Okay, bruh. What? Well, I think...
Was it Miner the whole time?
I think it was, and we were just dumb or something. I have no idea.
It's Cash. But Cash.
It's Cash. Mia, you saw that, right? You're not gonna randomly blame me?
Cash wasn't even near the body.
Yeah, it was the miner that killed her. I can't believe it was actually him.
But how?
I was so sure it was Juliet.
I was so sure it was Juliet, and then.
It makes sense, bruh. He was not defending me on that last round.
Nah, get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Yes, please.
Can we win this? Let's go!
Please.
Let's go! What? No!
Well, that's awkward.
No!
I have no idea why the miner killed there.
I am not playing this game anymore. I'm not.
That just made his case so much worse.
Dude, seriously?
Let's go!
Whatever.
All right, let's go again. And this time, I doubt I'm gonna get imposter. Yep, I just got crewmate. Well, I'm expecting that. I had a good imposter round. And, of course, the game just treats me by giving me a regular crewmate. I don't care. Whatever. All right, we're gonna start that download. I don't have to wait for it. We could run away while it's working. Does anybody have medbay? Anybody want to unsus themselves right now? Anybody? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. No, no, no. No, no, no. Let's fix this. Okay, bruh. What? Are you serious?
Oh my gosh.
What just happened?
It was just like left and right. Everyone was dying.
Oh, my God. Okay, who was at the bottom with me? There was 3 of us at the bottom.
All of us.
What do you mean? No, no, no. At the very bottom. There was like next to medbay.
Oh, you meant like at the back of the line?
I was in the room. I was in the room.
What room?
I think I was right outside of it.
The one that Evan was dying.
No, what just happened?
I was the one closest right, like hugging the right wall after the first body.
Oh my goodness. Is anybody else gonna say anything?
I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say.
Who was at the bottom with me there?
Okay, I wanted to see if anybody would take it. It was me. I was at the very bottom.
Oh, I see. I see.
Closest to leaving, like, spawn, essentially.
Yeah, smart.
So was it 3 killer rolls?
No.
No.
How did 3 people die?
I think the only explanation is the sheriff shot the imposter.
Oh.
Oh.
Because how else could 3 people die?
You think the sheriff shot the wrong person and then they killed himself?
Oh, true, true.
True.
Probably.
You think there might be maybe one?
So 1 imposter kill, 1 sheriff kill.
Yeah, it's very possible that one of these people dead is one of the imposters.
We can see if we skip. So let's do that. Hopefully it's just one left.
I say we're clear. I say we're clear.
I say I'm clear.
No, you cannot say that.
I say I'm clear.
No, I bet it's Nico, bro.
Okay, no one was ejected. 2 imposters remain? No, this is so bad. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. I'm gonna stay near Mia. That is so many people dead in one go. Ah, get away, get away, get away, get away. I'm gonna spam report. I'm gonna spam this button. Nico, try and kill me. Don't you dare. I'm camping. Squid and Nico are together. BMT just came from up top. Shady came from the side. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Get away from me. Okay, Mia's still here. I gotta run. I am so freaked out right now. Bart the Martin.
No.
Where was it?
I was trying to do something. I couldn't see it.
So I was going up the hallway, going to lights, and then as I walk into office, lights got fixed, which then opened my field of view, which crossed the hallway over to admin, and I see a dead body. So I just walked over and reported.
Shady, where were you?
I was in the hallway.
Mia had just walked up. She saw me come out of lights.
You were where?
I was in the hallway.
I saw VMT report the body, but I don't know if he killed the body, so I don't know if it was a self-report.
Mia saw me walk out of the office, correct, Mia?
I did. I saw Meebo in there and you in there.
Yes, and I walked directly across the hallway to admin.
Mia, who do you think is safe?
The only person I think is safe right now is Cash. I'm gonna be honest.
I stayed in cafeteria that whole time.
You know, I did see Mia and Cash in cafeteria at the bottom.
I was just trying to stay near Mia. I was just terrified. There's 2 imposters. Still.
We gotta vote.
Huh.
We have to vote someone out here.
We have to vote.
I came back to cafeteria because I knew everyone was in there, so I came to join the party. And then the lights went out, so I went up.
Where was Nico and Shady? I didn't see them.
I got medbay, so you could...
Squid was dead in admin after I fixed lights.
Yeah, no.
No, you saying you have medbay now is not valid.
What do you mean? I literally have medbay.
All it takes is 1 kill each and we're done for.
Oh no.
I don't know who it is, guys. Somebody has to have some info.
I mean, if we vote one out and I have medbay, then that clears me.
I don't have any info.
But we need to vote.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see if Nico's telling the truth then. Unless our
Well, we gotta vote.
I think our game's done for, guys. I don't know who it is.
Do we want... Wait, no, we could clutch it. We just gotta vote 1 imposter out here. I don't think it's Mia or VMT. VMT's story seems accurate. It seems valid.
I feel like it's Meebo, because
I mean, Mia saw me.
Can anybody vouch for Meebo?
I can't.
I can't.
I can't either.
I mean, I saw him running through the hallway.
We can watch Nico do medbay.
I thought Meebo was gonna do like a med bay at the beginning. I don't know.
Do you want to... Who do we vote? Nico?
I'm voting Meebo. I'm voting Meebo.
Are we voting Nico?
I think it's Meebo.
Meebo?
I'm voting Meebo. I'm voting Meebo.
Oh, nah. If this is wrong, we're cooked.
We might be cooked, chat.
If we're wrong, we're cooked.
Bro, hopefully.
I'm sorry, Meebo. Okay, that's 1. Yes. Let's go. Mia is actually a genius. Thank goodness she cooked for us. All right, I'm staying over here. Okay, Nico actually is doing medbay. Yes. Good. Very good. Okay, Martin. Okay, Skibbity Martin. Should we keep going? Let's go. I kind of want to go up. Shady wants us to follow him this way. I want to see where the last person is. Are they still alive even? Okay, VMT is still alive. Good. I was just making sure. Oh, lights are going out. Boom. There we go. Fixed. Okay, nobody's dead yet. This is good. Perfect. All right. 02981. We'll do that. Is there going to be a kill right here? Better not watch somebody die. I don't know where Mia went to. She might have gone to reactor though. Shady just went up. VMT's still there. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Get away from me. Get away from me. I need to keep track of who's who. Hey, yo. 52659. All right. We're all good. Is there going to be a dead body here? Okay. I think we're chilling right now. Nobody can kill in front of anyone. I don't like this one bit. I'm going to go down with Nico this way. Nico's right there. I'm just chilling with him. I know he's safe. We got to go fix the O2 now. Let's go, Nico. Let's go. I need my buddy. I need my buddy, Nico. Where you at? Oh, my goodness. Am I going to have to do this by myself? 49714. Run, 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 run. Go, go, go. Shady just came from down here. Wait, this is very sus. I don't like that. I don't like it. No dead bodies. Very interesting. Mia's alive. Good. Oh, I for sure thought somebody was going to be dead there.
I know, that's why I called it. It's too quiet, bro.
No one died?
I was so worried.
Whoever the imposter is, they're going slow.
Yeah, they're playing the long game.
Okay, well,
Alright, well, I just wanted to check.
I'm done with my task.
Same.
So,
I got one more in reactor.
you would have one more.
I'm not going to lie. I do have a lot of tasks.
Okay, we'll let Nico do his one, and then we'll just follow you.
Okay, wait. Stay in cafeteria. I have 2 tasks near here, and then we'll go with Nico.
Okay.
Let me just do 2 tasks in cafeteria.
Okay.
I have a slight feeling it's shady.
Okay.
All right, bro. Here comes the sus rumors, bro.
I feel like it's shady too. Bro's quiet.
It's only because I saw Nico medbay and I know Mia's safe and like VMT had a good story. Okay, let me do my 2 tasks right here real quick. Yeah, begin weather download. Okay, and done. Let me out of here. Perfect. Oh no. Oh gosh, I need to go get this wires real quick though. Yeah. Run, 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 run. We gotta go fix this immediately. It's all the way. Yo, someone just vented. Who just vented? Yeah. Oh wait, I'm not sure who vented. I saw it go up. Very interesting. I do have a task up here though that I should complete. Yeah, and boom. I have an office task that I need to do over here. Boom.
Oh, this is...
Do you know who it was?
Alright, Nico just snapped her neck and then just immediately reported.
Nico, what the heck?
This is crazy.
Well, no. I saw Nico medbay though. Nico medbayed.
Cash, you know what to do.
He did not medbay.
Did he?
Who is it, Nico?
It's VMT.
Is VMT?
I thought that was somebody else.
Someone instantly fixed lights, comms, and then I just saw it was VMT.
I thought it was somebody else. Was it I don't know. It might have been just blue throwing me off. I thought it was squid.
Also, wait, other than me, who was the last one in reactor?
It was Shady.
It was Shady.
Me and VMT were in decontamination.
It was me, Mia, and Nico. Comms went out, and then he snapped her neck, and then it's reported.
I was the last one to come to reactor, and right as I was entering, I saw somebody vent.
Dude, I'm instantly locking VMT, bro.
Unless it was Mia, and she was like engineer or something. I don't know.
Well, I'm voting Nico because he just snapped her neck right in front of my eyes.
Okay, VMT found the first body, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That was sus.
How? I told you exactly how it went down. I went up to lights.
And then I did medbay. How could it be me?
I thought that was squid.
Unless like the game's broken or something.
Or it was somebody else. I don't think it was you.
Well, Shady, what do you think?
Dude, I don't know.
Shady's definitely the jester. He's definitely the jester.
Loki, Shady's the imposter. I'm kidding.
I think Shady knows it's VMT and he's just not saying anything.
I like barely even saw anything. From my perspective, it looked like you moved forward and killed Mia. That's all I saw coming down.
Well, it's because comms were off and then everyone was gray. And then VMT killed, the engineer fixed, and then I saw it was VMT.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's all I got to see.
Wait, so you're sure it's VMT, Nico?
I'm sure.
Okay, I'm trusting Nico then, because I know he's safe.
Okay.
Of course.
All right, Shady. Why do you split it?
Little jester boy here. Little jester boy.
Why?
How are we gonna win this?
Now y'all ain't want to vote me out, huh? Come on now.
Oh my goodness. This is so bad. This is just horrible. We cannot have this happen. Go, go, go. Stay away. Stay away. I'm not going to even press the button. Are we all just going to stand here? All right, I'll press it. Okay, I didn't really want to press the button because I feel like it's just going to be the same thing. But are we going to vote VMT?
If you're a ghost, do your tasks.
It's not me, bro. Nico snapped her neck and then just reported it immediately.
Cash, do you have any tasks left?
Yes, I do.
Oh, no.
I have one in office, one in greenhouse, and then I got to finish the launchpad one.
If one of us dies, we're done for.
Nico, just stay with me. Just stay together with me.
If you want, I'll just stay in the cafeteria.
Okay, I'm just gonna vote VMT. VMT, just vote yourself.
No, why? I think it's you. I'm voting you, bro.
End it now.
Ain't nobody playing this bit this long.
Alright.
Oh, thank you.
Shady knew he couldn't win as the jester.
Tried my best.
Oh, thank God. That was scary.
Bro.
I had the best comms fix ever.
I totally forgot that you medbayed. So like once you said that, I'm like, shoot, of course. The one person I try to throw the blame on, you had medbay.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, apparently the police doesn't like when I call y'all beautiful in my other videos, so I got thrown in jail. But it's okay. Okay, we're gonna make an escape out of here, and I'm gonna figure out a way how. I see a glowing envelope right here that probably has something for me to read. There's an abandoned subway tunnel underneath the prison. All you have to do to escape is dig through it. MB. So it's under here. This is my escape route. Roll the carpet. All right, let's roll it up. Oh, wait a second. I'm seeing squares. What am I supposed to do with squares? We gotta pick up this chair, and then I can hit the floor. Wait, destroy. Oh, nobody sees this, right? Hey, y'all don't get any funny ideas. Don't even be looking at me. I'm just breaking the floor open. Okay, I gotta break all these tiles. We got 6 of them. 6, 7. Okay, there's 5, and then there's 6. Boom. Now what do I do? Should I put this back? Why do I feel like I'm gonna get caught? Oh, spoon. So this is what I use to dig in the ground. All right, well, let's start digging. No one sees a thing, right? The pile of dirt's too big? Y'all see that? Oh, well, what do I do about that? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep digging. I'm not worried about that. Oh, I got a boot. I like that. Now I can unroll the carpet and cover up any of my mess. And boom. There we go. Put the item on the bench by the bars. All right, boot. Go right there. Thank you. And now I have to hide my spoon under the bed so nobody sees. Now what do I do about this dirt? Where do I put this? Oh, in the toilet. That's where I put it. Okay, we're flushing it down there. Ew, that looks nasty, bruh. Is that pee in there? Oh, nah. Don't tell me that's my pee. Wait, knock on the cell door to call the guard? Why do I want to call the guard over? I mean, I guess I'll do it, but I feel like he's just gonna... Wait, I could sell the item to the guard. No.
You're not up to something, are you?
No, of course not. Do you want this?
3 toilet paper for this.
Why do I need toilet paper? I mean, I guess I'll take it. Yeah, agree. All right. Thanks for the toilet paper, I guess. All right. Exit the cell carefully.
I'll see you again in 30 seconds.
Wait, what? What you mean? Wait, 30 seconds? Hey, yo, what's up? Wait, you want to give me cereal and it gives me energy. You want to give me dumbbells and it gives me max energy. Okay, I don't need any more energy right now because I'm at 48 out of 50. But, you know, I will take this. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. Oh, wait, I need 30 toilet paper? I only have 3, brother. Oh, God. Yo, what do you want? 50? Okay, I'll buy the cereal. Hurry up. Yo, hurry.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Guard found you outside the cell. And I get reset? Oh my goodness, I do. Okay, I'll be right back. Hello, Mr. Guard. This time I want to sell you this lighter. How much you gonna give me for that? 5 toilet paper. I can negotiate though. Oh, let's negotiate. Boom. It has a chance the higher I go. Nah, 10% chance? Okay, never mind. We're not negotiating. I'll just sell it for 5. Thank you very much, Mr. Guard. I'll take that toilet paper.
I'll see you in the cell again in 30 seconds.
Yeah, all right. Good luck with that. Now I need more energy because I'm at 0 out of 50. So what can I get for 5 toilet paper? 30? Oh, nah. 5, 50, 50. Okay, the only one I can afford is this, but it gives me plus 100 energy. So give me that milk, please. Thanks, bro. Oh, wait. You have another offer? Well, I have no more toilet paper, so I cannot. Uh-oh. Guard's coming. Uh-oh. I'm just in my cell. Don't you worry about a thing. Everything is under wraps, right? Yes, okay. My spoon needs to always be hidden and the carpet needs to be covered at all times. Now, is the guard gone? Do I keep digging here or should I wait for that lunch break that I'm seeing? I see a lunch break in 5 seconds.
Lunch break time. Let me out, please.
Okay, why are you letting everybody else out but me? Come on, let me out first. Okay, really? You're a different guard than before. You're not the one I spoke to earlier.
Lunch. Get out to the cafeteria.
Okay.
Yes, I will. Wait, who's that?
Hey, you.
Hi, I'll pay you $5 for a job. I'm not gonna do that just yet. Oh, these guys during lunch, I can play games with them and I can make some money? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna play 3 cards. Wait, I have no cards. And I have no money. Okay, give me my soup. Thank you very much. I got beans. Now I need to actually make some money, so I'll do your deal. What do you want?
What is your mission?
Get me a soap bar. How in the world do I get... Okay, I'll get you a soap bar. Does anybody have a soap bar? Yo, my cell is so much bigger than everyone else's. I'm so sorry, guys. I want to go in the warehouse. I can't go in there. This prison is tiny. It looks like a Mr. Beast filming shoot. Can I just go back to my cell during lunch break and keep digging? Nobody's gonna know a thing, right? I want to find some more items since I got all this energy. Yeah, I'm chilling. All right. Nobody knows a thing, please. I have about 14 minutes until lunch is over. Oh, give me that boot. Yeah, we'll put that right there. What else we got? Oh, I'm seeing something. Canteen. Boom. And then a rubber duck. Yo, wait. I'm actually cooking right now. I'm finding everything. Boom. What else do I want? Oh, what's this? Another boot. And then that's, well, a wrench. Is there gonna be a soap bar under here? I found a can. I got no idea if that's good or not. Oh, I see something. Lighter. And then another boot. Perfect. Oh, it's end of lunch. Oh my god, lock in. Oh my god, lock in. We have 15 seconds until the guard returns. Yo, the dirt. The dirt. I need to get it out of here. He can't catch this. Oh my god. Okay, the dirt's gone, right? Oh, that was so stressful. Oh my, I didn't think lunch would end that quick, bruh. I had to be so fast. All right, everything's in order though. Wait, do I flush it? Oh my god, unclog. Oh,
You're not up to something, are you?
no, I am not, sir. I cannot believe you didn't see that. Can I sell you my items, please? What? 33 toilet paper. Let me negotiate that. What's the chance? Oh, I can negotiate to 34, but that brings the chances down a lot. Oh, wow. I'm gonna just keep it at 33. I'm not taking any chances right now. I did a lot of work for that stuff, you know. Give me that. Thank you.
I'll see you again in 30 seconds.
All right, goodbye. And now I can get a better shovel because I have 33 toilet paper. All right, sir. You have the shovel? Yes, you do. 30? Should I do that or should I get more energy? Oh, I should have dug up more stuff. All right, fine. I'll take the shovel. At least it'll help me. Oh god, he's coming. He's coming. Yo, lock in. I totally did not get a shovel. It's under my bed. It's totally not bright and red and obvious for you to see. What's up, Mr. Guard? You gonna close my door now? Yeah, thanks, bro. Okay, next I gotta get a better bag. Or at least that's what it's telling me. So I'm gonna unroll this and then let's take our shovel and let's start digging. This thing better be OP. Boom. Oh, it is kind of OP. Dubs. All right, let's start collecting literally everything. Where have I not dug yet? Oh my goodness. I have like no energy right now. I need to get up a lot more. Okay, a boot. That's not bad. Anything over here? Oh, low energy level. This is cooked. This is so cooked, bruh. There's gotta be some. I see something. Boom. I gotta find the little bits and pieces around here. Hello. Okay, and we got one more item. That's fine. I have no energy though, so I got a special item. I don't know. Oh, I got the bar of soap. Okay, you go there, unroll this, and then we gotta take all that dirt and put it in the toilet. And please don't clog the toilet. Yo, lock in. Oh, I have to unclog you. Yo, I gotta fit more stuff. Come on. There we go. More dirt, and then more dirt. Okay, unclog. It's all gone, right? Everything back to normal? Cool. Let's call the guard over then. Boom. Hello, sir. I have more items for you.
Everything okay?
Yes. Would you like all this? 18? Yo, give me a better price, bro. Come on. 19? No. I'll take 18. I don't want to take a loss right now, okay? I'm not negotiating just yet. Give me that.
I'll see you again in 30 seconds.
Okay, goodbye. Now I have 21 toilet paper. I need to buy some more energy with this. What do you got? A ladle? No. Yogurt. That gives energy. Dumbbells. Okay, I have to buy the yogurt. This guy's the goat. He refills my whole energy bar. And then he wants to give me... Oh, I would take that, but I don't need any more energy. Oh my god, guard is coming. Yo, I don't have enough toilet toilet paper to trade with anybody else. That's fine though. As long as I have my max energy, that's all that matters, because now I can make a ton of money. Hello, sir. Come close my cell. Goodbye. Thank you very much. All right, now it's time to start digging. Let's unroll this carpet and let's look for some more items. What we got? Come on. The pile of dirt is too big. Yo, how is it too big already? Do I have to worry about that? I hope I don't have to worry about that. Give me that canteen. Let's just keep digging. If the guard starts coming here while I can't get the dirt out of the way. Ooh, I found a goblet. I might be cooked. Anything down here? Oh God. Come on. I gotta find something. I'm gonna run out of energy. Game, give me something. Oh, I found item for Big Jeremy. I think that's just another bar of soap. I probably shouldn't sell that, huh? All right, lighter, you go there. Can of soup, you go there. We got another bar of soap. Wow. I probably should hold it instead of actually putting it on the table, right? And I'm low on energy. Okay, well, I can at least pick up these binoculars and then use up the rest of my energy. But if that guard comes back, I gotta go. More binoculars. Boom. Okay, hide the tool, unroll the carpet, and we just gotta get all the dirt back into that toilet. Don't you clog up now. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Everything back to normal? Good. It is. Call the guard. Okay, sir, I'd like to give you all of my stuff. 61 toilet paper this time. Can I negotiate it? I can negotiate for 62. All right, 94% chance. Let's do it. Success.
Oh, yeah.
62 rolls of toilet paper. I will take it. See you later. Okay, now that he's leaving, what do y'all got? $50 for a ladle, 5 for chips. You know what? I'll take that. Thank you. Oh, I probably should have bought the dumbbells so I can get +5 max energy. Okay, yeah, give me that. I will take it. And now I have 23 left. Oh God, guards coming though. I need 50 toilet paper and I'm only at 23. Wait, what do you have? Oh, more rope. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna call the guard over early. I have my energy back so I can keep digging. Goodbye, sir. See you later. Now we got 2 minutes to lock in. Give me my shovel. I'm just gonna dig in the middle. Wait, the pile of dirt's too big, so I can't dig down there anymore? I need that ladle then next, or else I'm gonna be cooked. Yeah, bro, I'm running out of items to grab. Okay, another lighter. What is that? A flare gun? Huh. Oh God, I'm finding nothing now. Lights out? What you mean lights out? Do I stop digging? Oh no, I can keep digging. Another soap bar. I'm just gonna hold this one. Okay, flashlight. Wait, I'll take that. And then we got a can. I'm trying to start a business out here, guys. I'm making money. Can? All right, we'll take that and then we'll just stop right there. He's about to come back in like 40 seconds, so I need to make sure everything's cleaned up. Everything go in the toilet. Stop clogging up, bruh. I know I'm not supposed to be putting dirt in there, but I mean, come on. All right, there we go. Unclogged. Everything's back to normal. At night, you can't call the guard. Get some sleep. Oh, okay. Do I gain energy from this, or is my energy still gonna be at 4? No, we do regain energy. Good. Oh, and I got beef stew. Oh, max energy. Boom. Now I gotta get a better bag. We don't have to trade for that guy anymore because we don't need more energy. We just need a higher max. Oh, another letter?
How's it going? Have you started digging yet? There's a warehouse in the prison where you'll find plenty of useful stuff, but unfortunately it's locked. I'll find out who might have the key and get back to you.
Yo, thanks, MB. You the GOAT. He's my partner in crime. All right, guard, come take all of this stuff from me. There's a soap bar in here, but I couldn't give it to that guy. How much you gonna give me? 31? You willing to negotiate? Barely. I don't even care. Just give me 31 toilet paper rolls. I'll take it. Okay, now I'm at 54, and the game wants me to get a better bag. So who has a better bag? Oh, it's this guy. 50 rolls. Do I want that though? I kind of want the ladle. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God, the guard's coming. I'm taking the ladle. I'm sorry. I need a better tool to dig. I'm trying to make more money out here. I'll get the bag after this though. Let's hide you under there, and everything's back to normal. Goodbye, Mr. Guard. All right, it's time to start digging. How strong actually is this ladle though? Boom. The pile of dirt's too big. What does that even mean, bro? I thought this ladle would actually help me. Oh, it actually is though. We're digging huge holes now. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh, what's this? A wrench? I got that before. A boot. We got a rubber duck. Oh, I can hold this down. I didn't even realize. Flashlight. Another goblet. Is that a grenade? Oh no. Canteen. Binoculars. Thank you. A lighter. Another boot. And another rubber duck. Okay, I'm getting low on energy and the guard's about to return, so this is the last thing I'll grab. The coin. Now I'm just gonna hide this and then I'm gonna unroll this and put all the dirt in the toilet. Okay, perfect. I'm about to make so much from this guard now. Let's go. Hello, sir. How much for all of this? 78? Ooh. How much you willing to go up? 80? Ooh, I can sell for 80 and get a 91% chance. Let's do it. Yes! I can't get too risky with those. Collect. Thank you very much. 30 seconds. See you later. Okay, how much you got? Plus 100 energy? You know what? I'll buy that. Thank you. What do you got? Shovel? Okay, no. I need to buy the better bag, right? Yeah, let's do that. Boom. We got the better bag and I still got 29 toilet paper left. Max energy? Oh God, $100 for that? I don't got $100, bro. Okay, you know what? It's fine. I'm gonna just close this for now. Goodbye, sir. Trade for something to speed up your climbing speed. I already got the ladle, but I mean, it's fine. At least we got the backpack now. Now, how much further can we go down? The pile of dirt's too big. Stop saying that. I know it's not too big. I'll just throw it all in the toilet. It'll be fine. Okay, we got a padlock. I ain't never seen that before. Another bronze coin, and I see a little bar of soap right there. Canteen, thank you. I wish I could use some of this stuff that I'm getting. I feel like having a canteen would help me hold more liquids. And a wrench could definitely help me dig, or at least fix the toilet from clogging. Ooh, old coins. Lighter, thank you. Low energy. Okay, don't worry about a thing. I'm gonna use up all my energy. We'll be fine. fine. Can't dig anymore. All right, that's fine. Get me out of here. All right, I gotta hide you and unroll you. The guard's about to be back. Yo, dirt, get into toilet now. And there we go. It didn't even clog. Okay, perfect. We got all these to sell. So, guard, how much you want to give me for all this? Let's see. 55. You willing to negotiate? Nah, it's not worth it. 55, I'll take it. Thank you. Now, let's see. Am I gonna have enough to actually buy a better tool? See you later, bro. Okay, wait. What do you want? 100? I don't have 100, brother. Cereal? I guess I'll have to take that, right? Bro, why does everybody want 100 toilet paper? Okay, I'll buy the dumbbells. Oh, wait. No, I have to get the cereal. I forgot. So now we're max energy and then a better rope. Okay, we're down to 51 toilet paper, but we're making upgrades. This isn't bad. Come on over, guard. We got lunch break in 1 second. Okay, did I accidentally sell my bar of soap that I had earlier? I think I might have. I'm not gonna lie. Can I give you the item? This is not a soap bar. Yo, my fault. I accidentally sold it. I'll get you another one soon. Now, how do I actually gamble with these guys? Oh, I can bet my toilet paper on this. Wait, what game are we playing right now? I have no idea. I guess I'll bet 1 toilet paper. What happens now? Oh, do I have to find the queen? Oh, I wasn't watching. This one. I actually got it. Wait, okay. Let's bet $2 now. Okay, queen's in the middle, right? Middle. It's the middle one. Yeah. Okay, now let's bet 4. Okay. Oh, right, left. Oh, God. Middle, right, middle. Oh, buns. Yo, I am buns. Okay, so the higher up you bet, the harder it gets. Okay, left. I think it's middle. Dude! No, I'm gonna bet again on that queen. Okay. It's the right one.
Aha.
We're gonna get our money back up. Oh, don't you get away from me. It's the right one.
Oh. Do I go again and bet 4?
Nah, I'm a pass. I'm not trying to lose too much. Gambling's bad. All right, give me my soup. Thanks, bro. Can I actually work out here? Wait, what? Press. Oh, hold on. What does this actually do? Maximum energy increased. Yo. So I could just train here and increase my max energy. I don't even have to buy from that guy. Dubs. How many times can I actually do this? I'm guessing the weight just goes up every single time. Oh, yeah. It gets a lot harder the more you go up. Okay, I'm just spamming space. I don't even care. I think I could do that one more time. I'm at 63. Oh, I'm cooking. Hold on. Yeah. Boom. Okay, I have no energy anymore. My fault. Wait, can I take more soup? Oh, I already took my dinner. All right, that's fine. I don't think I can dig anymore because I just increased all my max energy. Why did I do that? I can play the slot machine. I mean, I got $2, so if I risk one of them. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna play $1. Please. Nah, I got scammed. All right, I'm not playing that thing anymore. Give me back in my cell. End of lunchtime. I can't dig today, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to just trade later. Okay, the guards are gonna return in 9 seconds. Can I trade with anybody? Can I trade with you? Yo, hurry up. Here, I got 1 second. Give me back. Oh, I got my energy back. Somehow before the guard returned. Everything okay? Yes, everything's okay. Can I have toilet paper? Wait, you're actually gonna give me toilet paper?
I'll see you again in 30 seconds.
Oh, wait, what? I don't even think I have enough to trade with any of these guys, though. 100, 5, 100, 100. 50. I don't need more speed right now. I think I'm good. All right, close my cell up so I can start digging more. Thank you, sir. We're locked. Open the carpet, grab the tool, and now we dig. Got a bronze coin. I need to get a bar of soap. A rubber duck. We got a silver coin. A lighter. A canteen. Oh, I got like 4 items here. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Soap bar. Okay, I'm gonna take that last. I need to give it to that dude. Let's just put everything on here and then grab the soap. Boom. Roll the carpet and then put this under here.
And just hide all of the dirt. Go down the toilet.
How much you gonna give me for all this? 27? That is so buns. Ah, bro. I'm gonna go for the chance at 30. Now let's do 29. Success. Aha. Thank you, sir. I'll take that. And now I got 30 seconds. Okay, I only have 82. I'm just gonna restore my energy because I don't have enough for anything else. All these guys want 100. And this is the only guy that's got cheap prices. So give me that yogurt. Thank you. Appreciate you. I can't afford anything else. Sorry, guys. I mean, I can get shoes, but I don't need that. So I'm just gonna wait until the next time it's lunch break because I need to give Jeremy the soap bar. So let's just get back to work. What's up, my little dirt hole? What you gonna give me this time? Ooh, a flare gun. Thank you. Rubber duck. Ooh, a flashlight. Can of soup. Another can of soup. Padlock and a rubber duck. All right, everything goes up there. I'm gonna just use all my energy. I think it's worth it. Canteen. I couldn't even see it. It's getting so dark down here. I need to use that flashlight I got. Soap bar. I already have one, so I'm just gonna place that there. Padlock. Okay. Old coins, and I'm running out of energy. Although that's fine. More old coins. Okay, I'm out of energy, so let's just pack up for the day. Roll you over, and then I'll hide you and toss all this dirt in here. I can't cut it too close. If I dig too long and the guard comes over here, I might not have time, especially with this toilet clogging. Okay, now we can just put all of our stuff out here. I'm gonna keep my soap bar on me, though, because I gotta give it to Jeremy. Hello, sir. I'd like to sell you all of this stuff. 66.
Oh, yes, I'll take it. You mind if I get it 6-7 by any chance? Thank you. Success.
All right, give me all that stuff. Now I'm at 144 toilet paper. This is goated. Okay. I'm gonna try and get max energy. So let's buy the dumbbells plus 5 max energy. So now we should be at 70. Good. And then obviously I'll get the chips so I can max that out. Thank you. And I don't have enough for anything else, so I can't really buy this. This guy is the goat though. He keeps selling me more energy for like $5. He's the best. I'm sure his prices are gonna go up soon though. Now my next task is digging 3.5 meters down. I wonder if that's gonna be hard, but let's try it. I guess we just get to work. I could really use some light over here. It's getting really hard to see. Ooh, a boot? What in the world is that? A coffin? I have to unearth the lid first. What? That is kind of crazy. So I have to undig this entire thing? Bro, that's gonna waste all my energy. I can't do that now. I gotta at least get enough items to sell first. Oh god, lights out? I don't have to worry about that, right? I just gotta dig out this huge coffin, bro. And I have no energy again. Okay, at least I think we got enough items to sell. Let's just go back up. If I place everything down here, how much did I actually get? Oh, it's actually not bad. Let's just get some sleep so we can get some more energy though. And now we have a new day with more energy. Oh, give me that soup. Wait, I'm max again. This is dubs.
About the warehouse, I've got some intel. The previous storekeeper across the cleaning lady, Dorothy, had vanished without a trace. Word on the street is he was murdered, but no body's been found. So yeah, the key's a bit of a problem, but you'll definitely find it soon.
I'll probably find it in that coffin, I'm not gonna lie, but we don't got that much time. So let me start digging up this coffin a little more. I got all the energy I need so far. Bro, I wish I could buy some lights. That would be nice. Okay, I found binoculars. Thank you. Got another flashlight that I can't even use. A flare gun. What is that? I see a little speckle. A watch? I hope that watch sells for a lot. And a padlock. Okay, the guard's gonna return and I have no energy, so I might as well just go out here. Gotta pack everything up first. I'm not gonna lie though, this time around I actually got a lot of stuff to sell. Let's just place it all down here. Boom. Okay, not bad. Hello there, Mr. Guard. I have an offering for you. 76. Can I get that up to 80? It's too risky. I'll just do 78. Okay, not bad. Thank you, sir. Now I have 117 toilet paper. The game wants me to open the coffin that I found. Well, hold on. First, I'm gonna buy some stuff. You know what? I think I want a handheld shovel. 55 digging power. I'll take it. We need to dig way faster right now, and then I'll obviously get some bread. Thank you. Anything else? I have 12. Oh, no. I only have 12. I gotta hide this tool. All right, goodbye, guard. I'm totally not digging up a coffin right now. Dude, I bet this thing's gonna have so much treasure in it. Okay, lock in. Let's go. Oh, this shovel is goated. Yo, this makes it so much easier. I'm finding so much stuff down here, too. Give me that. Okay, the coffin should be fully... Oh, I can dismantle this? What is it? Oh, I got a key. Yes. Thank you so much. And wait, a bronze statue. Oh, I got a lot now. That coffin was so good. A wrench. Thank you. Bar of soap. And my inventory is full. That's fine. Let's just put everything down right here. I have 3 bars of soap. I'm keeping one of them on me. I'll sell the other 2 though. Okay, a lighter, a bronze coin, rubber duck. Oh, we're making so much right now. Another bronze coin, and I'm about to run out of energy. Rubber duck. Let me get one more item before my energy's out. Ooh, padlock. And a bar of soap. I will most definitely take that. Thank you very much, game. Okay, everything's going back to normal now. Let's lay everything out on the table that we want to sell. Ooh, this is a lot. Come over here, guard. You want to give me 69?
Nice.
Can I negotiate? Give me 71. I'll just do 70. Let's make it clean. Thank you, sir. Now I should have 82 after this, and I believe with this I can buy maybe nothing. Hold on. What do y'all got for me? I'll take the cereal. 200. Yo, this is crazy. This guy wants 100 and this guy wants 50. I'll just take the cereal and I'm gonna save the rest of my money, I think. I'm just racking up money, so now I got a lot to work with. Let's keep digging though. Got a can, a boot, lighter. I feel like I should probably go deeper down, right? A canteen, old coins, a lighter. Okay, so I don't know if the items get better the deeper down we go, because I'm still getting boots and stuff and cans. Oh god, lunch break in 17 seconds? Wait. I gotta pack up. Yo, lock in, bruh. Wait, why is this happening so quick? Hold on. I have 8 seconds to clean up. Please don't clog right now. Please. 1 second. Don't clog. Oh my god, bro. You gave me like no time for that. I didn't realize lunch break was gonna be this quick. Oh, that was close. She almost saw me. All right, let me out. Thank you. You're all up in my face right now. All right, sir. I have your bar of soap. I'm just gonna wait for her to pass. Here, take it. Oh, now you're gonna give me more money for another job. All right, what do you want? A lighter. Okay, that's easy. I'll do that later. Now I got $11. I'm gonna gamble with that. Let's play 3 toilet papers and I will bet 1 toilet paper. Okay, here we go. Middle, right, left. Middle? Yes. Okay, now let's bet 2. Right, left, right, middle, left. Easy. Boom. Should I go for the 4? Let's go for the 4. This is gonna be greedy if I lose it. Okay, it's right. Yes! Do I want to bet 8? No, I'm gonna pass. Now, real quick, before I get my soup, I'm gonna go out here and work out. Yeah! Lock in, lock in. I need more max energy, please. Got it. And I have like no energy. Okay, I don't have enough energy, but if I buy the soup, then won't it fill me up? Oh, yes, it does. Okay, I'm gonna go to the warehouse real quick. Hello. Wait, what's in here? Oh, I can get explosives. And okay, I definitely need this because I literally can't see down there. $10 for a guard comeback time. Oh, it gives me more time. And then this stuff lowers the prices if I get posters. Wait. Okay, I don't really need to remove more dirt. However, I will take some dynamite. That'll be kind of goated. Let's buy one of those. You know what? We'll save the rest of our money. At least for now. Man, all of these upgrades are goated. Hello, Dorothy. And I can expand my cell for $10? Oh, I should have done that. It gives me more respect. That's fine. We'll get it soon. Do I have to close this warehouse door? I don't think so. I'm going back to my cell. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. I definitely don't have explosives on me. Can I sell you my items, sir? Or are you just gonna... Oh, you heard some noise? Take some items. 37? I'll just agree to that. Thank you. Oh, I got a ton of money now. And I can probably trade with people. 123 toilet paper. Okay. What do y'all got? What do y'all got? I need that more energy. 200 for that pan is crazy. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the energy and save the rest. I'll buy the pan if I can dig up some good stuff. Goodbye, sir. All right, it's time to start exploding. Let's roll up the carpet. I don't know if I need to get out of the way, but I'm just gonna toss a dynamite down here. Ugh. Oh, that was kind of buns. At least I can illuminate this place now. I can see. Okay, we got a rubber duck from that, and that's basically it. Let me just grab my shovel. I'm seeing more stuff that I'm kind of missing before. At least using the dynamite doesn't use my energy. That's pretty good. Okay, we got a rubber duck. Thank you. Padlock. Thank you. What is that? Soap bar. I need to get a lighter for this guy. Give me a lighter. Candlestick.
Why in the heck is that down there?
There's so many random items. One man's trash is another man's treasure. You know what I mean? Sorry. Okay, I'm about to run out of energy, bro. Canteen and a watch. Actually, I'll take a watch. Give me one more item. Come on, please. Oh, you Martin. Okay, is there anything else I missed? I'm not seeing it. Let me just go back here. Man, I'm so mad. I didn't get a lighter for that guy. Oh, God. Let me place all my items down. I want to sell you some stuff, bro. How much you gonna give me for all this? 47? Ugh. That's so buns. I'm gonna try and negotiate 50. There's a 70. No. Let me not be greedy. Let's do 47. I'll take it. I don't know what happens if it fails. I don't know if you lose the offer. But I have 167 toilet paper now. It's not enough to buy the new pan. So I think I would much rather just go here, get my energy back up. Thank you. Goat. And then everything else here is too expensive. I don't need more backpack space. So yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, guards going away. Let's try and get some more items here. I can get to 200 easily if I just find something really good. Okay, we got a soap bar. Give me a lighter. A lighter, yes. Oh, dubs. A watch. Oh, now we're getting good stuff, bro. Soap bar. What else? Ooh, a flare gun. Yes, please. A wrench. I'm liking what I'm seeing. A golden ring. Oh, yo, guys, we gonna make so much money. I just dug up the most beautiful items I think I've ever seen. Oh, yeah. Give me all of that. I don't even care that my energy's low. I got a lot of stuff. Another lighter. And our energy is gonna be out. Okay. Yo, that was not a bad run if I do say so myself. Hey, why did I lose my glow stick? Did I waste my money buying that? I'm not buying glow sticks anymore, bro. I'm just gonna have to dig in the dark for a little bit, but that's fine. My backpack icon at the top of my screen is golden now. I think it's because I got that gold ring. Heck yeah, bro. Let's place it all down here. And then we're gonna save the lighter in our inventory. I need to give it to that dude. You gotta give me at least 38 so I can make it to 200. How much you willing to give me? 59. I'm just gonna agree to that. Thank you, bro. All right, it's time to cook. We can get a pan or I could get some other stuff, but I don't really need more energy. I'm not gonna lie. Or maybe I do. Should I buy a kettlebell? No, I want to buy a pan. You know, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get the pan. I'm sorry. Oh God. Yo, give me the chips. Refill me. Thank you, bro. Dubs. Come on in, guard. I know lights are about to be out, but I feel like I can still dig a little bit. All right, thanks, bro. All right, time to put this pan to use, bro. Ugh. Give me that. Okay. Oh, this is nice. We got a huge area to dig in now. I kind of wish I still had a glow stick. It's a little hard to see. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, a flashlight, a watch. Lights are about to be out soon, but it's okay because when we sleep, we get more energy. So let's just use all of it up here. And come on, give me that. Boom. All right, no energy. That's chill with me. Lights are going out anyway, so I don't even care. Thank you very much. And let me make sure all of this is out of here as well. Oh, thank you. I love the big text on my screen that says lights out. It's not like I can tell. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna just place everything out here. And now we go to bed. Oops, don't take the tool. Go to bed. Okay, 36 out of 72. Wait, why am I stuck in here? Why am I... Yo, am I glitched? Oh, okay. I was just glitched, I guess. I'm gonna eat my food and we can get to digging real quick.
Another mysterious incident, this time with the guard who ran sports and basketball. No sign of him. The last security footage shows he didn't hold the door for Dorothy the cleaner. If you run into her, I suggest you nod and smile.
Yeah, bro. Thanks for the yap. I don't even care. I'm trying to get rich over here. Okay, candlestick. I'll take it. Bronze coin. Lighter. Bronze coin. A candlestick. Oh, wait. A what? A flare gun? Lighter and a flashlight. I I need to go deeper. Oh, goblet. I thought that was a watch for a second. Oh, wait. That's a watch. Thank you. My inventory is full. Yo, I need to use the rest of my energy, though. Should I risk it right now? I only have 35 seconds. Ooh, a silver coin. Just use all of our energy. Let's go. Okay, that's good enough. I gotta pack up quick. I got 28 seconds. Yeah. Wait, lock in. Hold on. Wait, I might be getting too greedy right now. How fast can I do this? Oh, God. No, don't clog right now. I have 15 seconds. The guard's coming. There's so much dirt here, bro. I cannot get reset again. Come on. Yes. Okay, we're safe. Oh, with like 1 second left. I have all these items to place down. Hello, sir. 116. You know you could do better than that, right? 118, 119, 120. I'll do 119.
Aha. Thank you, bro.
Give me all that. Now we're at 135 toilet paper. I need to get these prices lower, bruh. Like 200 for that is crazy. 100 for a new backpack. Should I get that? All right, fine. I'll take the backpack. Just give it to me. Appreciate it, bro. I feel like I gotta wait for lunch break so I can go out to the warehouse. You know what I mean? Or maybe instead of trading with the other prisoners, I just need to go out to the warehouse when the guard leaves. Because I need some better upgrades over here, bruh. Okay, I'm getting like 1 million items and I have a big backpack now, so this is good. And we're out of energy, but that's fine. I don't even care. We got a minute until the guard comes back, but I'm just gonna call them early as soon as I get rid of this. I'm gonna see if I have time to make it all the way to the warehouse because I want to get that cell expansion. All right, come over here, guard. I got a lot of items for you. Please give me lots of money. I would appreciate it. I wish I could eat this tomato soup. How much you gonna give me? 64? I'll just take it. I feel like there's no point in negotiating because we just gotta go fast. The time moves so quick in this game. Okay, can I follow you out here? Oh, no, wait, no, the warehouse is right here. Hello there, Miss Dorothy. I will buy the prison respect. Thank you. And now I got $2 more. I don't have enough for explosives, but I guess I'll buy some glow sticks. Why not? And then I need more energy. So, oh God, cereal. Give me the cereal. And wait, this guy has a discount now. 194. Oh, I love it. Thank you guys for the prison respect. My cell is way bigger than y'all's. Oh, and I didn't have time to go out to that guy yet. Okay, we could just wait till lunch break because it's at 12 anyways. So let's grab our tool. Give me that. And now let there be light. Yeah. Oh, perfect. I can see so much better now. Give me all the items in here. We got lunch break coming up. I gotta be ready. Watching that is so important because the guard comes very early. Okay, what is this? Soap bar, coin, lock in, bronze statue, soap bar, coin. Can I fill up my backpack and use all my energy real quick before lunch break time? Oh God, just use all the energy. Come on, we're about to get some free food. Okay, no energy. That's fine. We gotta go. We got 30 seconds. Hide you. Oh God. I gotta. Lock in. Wait, no, I'm chilling actually. Yes, let's go. Okay, good. We got all our items laid out right here. Boom. All right, let me out. I gotta go give this dude his item. So, yes, thank you very much. All right, here you go, bro. Take your item. And now you have another offer. I'll accept it. A wrench. Easy. $10. What do I want to buy in here? I could get 3 dynamite. Or I could buy a new toilet. Or I want more prison respect. Let's get that poster. Give me that. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, yeah. What's up, y'all? Can I buy some soup in here? I can. Thank you. I'm gonna go work out for a little bit. Gotta get my max energy up. Yeah. And perfect. Okay. Energy's now increased by 2. We're at 74. Let's get to 76 real quick. It's getting way harder to push this bar, bro. Ugh. Okay. No energy. It's okay. I'll take my soup. Oh, wait. I already did take my soup. Yo, my fault. I don't have enough for an energy drink or anything. But it's chill. Whenever lunch break is done, I can sell all this to the guard and then trade with those guys. And they better respect me more that I got this poster. Guard's gonna return soon, so we gotta lock in. I have 91 to spend. Come on, bro. Why are you the last one coming through, bro? I need you. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna stay in here. At least I can still sell to the guard. Hello, bro. 68. Make that 69. Thank you, sir. Yeah. All right, take that. Now we got 30 seconds. I'm just gonna get energy, and I don't know if I have enough to buy anything else, but we'll see. All right, give me that. Milk. We're at 156. 261. 174. Oh, I don't have enough for any of this stuff, guys. You're pulling my leg here, bro. Come on. It's fine, because I have an explosive to use. Or wait, no, that's a glow stick. My fault. Okay, let me just light up this joint. I gotta use up all my energy. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Flashlight. I love it. We should definitely go down deeper because we need to get to 10 meters. I'm guessing we'll find way better stuff down here. So I'm at 9 meters. I'm getting a lot of good stuff right now. A rubber duck. Oh, can I get to 10 before my energy runs out? Please, I'm almost there. Oh, yes, I'm down to 10. And now I gotta dig 15 meters towards the north. I don't even know what that means, bruh. Whatever. I'm hiding my stuff. I got a lot of good items to sell. I definitely need to increase my max energy. I think I've been neglecting that a little too much. Okay, Mr. Guard, come on in. What you got for me? 56. I'm pretty sure I can just always negotiate this to 57 and it's chill. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Now I have 213, so I can actually buy some more stuff. Okay. Give me my energy, please. Thanks, bro. 209. I can buy a kettlebell or a backpack. I don't have enough for the edging shovel. All right, kettlebell. Let's do it. Now I should be up to 81 max energy. Oh, dubs. I should have bought that afterwards. Whatever. At least now I can start digging towards the north, whatever that means. So let's see. Is there like a compass? Where's north? Brother, what? I don't know where north is. Although I am getting rings and stuff. Ooh, I love it. The goal is to just to use all of my energy so I can get as much space dug out as possible before he comes back. I don't think I need to buy more guard time ever. I think I hit a floor though. Wait, there's nothing deeper than this. Yo, I hit bedrock, gang. Really, bruh? Okay, whatever. That's fine. Let me just put everything back. Thank you. Place all my stuff down. Oh, I got a lot. This has got to sell for a ton next time. Mr. Guard, how much money you want to give me for all this, please?
Hello, sir.
56.
Make that 57, please. Thank you.
All right, cool. 92 should be enough to buy maybe a backpack? Maybe? No, he wants 174. Okay, yeah, no. We just got to restore our energy. Save the rest, and then I can go to the warehouse, though. I have $6. What can I get for this? I don't have enough money. Okay, whatever. Explosives. I just bought 2 of them. Whatever. I don't know where the north is, so I have to try and figure out where in the world I'm supposed to dig to. I think I'm just going to go down there and use my explosives. I cannot see a thing, though. All right, explosive number 1. You're going right there. And then I'll just keep going that way. Oh, that just blew up in my face. Okay. Can, flashlight, a lighter. It's about to be lights out, so I got to go back up. Although they don't actually come in during lights out, so I think I'm chilling. Rubber duck? Brother, give me something better, please. I cannot be dealing with all this. Whatever. I'm going to just use all my energy real quick. Oh, and my inventory's full, brother. Why you do it? I need that stuff, though. I forgot about that, though. Okay, lights are about to be out. Lock in. I'm not worried about a thing. No guard's going to see any pile of dirt ever. All right, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Don't worry. I know the guard's coming. Should I even eat my food right now, or should I save it? Can I save that? I'll just eat it. You can dig down about 10 meters, then you'll hit hard rock. Don't worry. There's a horizontal layer of soft clay down there. I just need to figure out which direction. Yeah, figure out that direction, please. All right, how much you want to give me? 97? Make that 100.
Yes. I'll take it.
Thank you, bro. Now we got 30 seconds. Can I buy anything with 188? I don't think I can buy from him. No, he's too expensive. 174? I don't need a backpack, though. I feel like I should save it for max energy. Okay, what about the warehouse? Oh, God. I would love to have those energy drinks. Whatever. Let me just go back to digging. We might as well use up all our energy and make some more money. I'm just going to dig out in every single direction. This is like Minecraft. I know exactly what I need to be doing. It would be nice to get some items, though. Okay, bar of soap, lighter, rubber duck, binoculars. Ooh, a watch. Give me that. Flare gun, another rubber duck. Oh, I can't reach that wrench, bro. Ugh. Ooh, a silver coin, and I'm out of energy. Okay, that's chill, though. That was high-key a good run. Thank you, bro. Let me just clean up everything. How much am I going to get for all of this? Please tell me it's a lot. I need to buy something soon, bro. 69. Make that 70. 72, possibly? Dubs. Okay, perfect. Thanks, bro. See you in 30 seconds. Yep. I have $2 to spend, so I think I'm going to save it, and I'm actually going to go bet during the lunch break so I can make money. Okay, what do I actually want? I have 260, so... I need 261 for you? You've got to be kidding me, bro. You scammer. I guess I'll save until I can get that better shovel. Dorothy, I'll see you in a bit. Just wait till it's lunch break so I can bet my money. I still don't know how to dig 15 meters towards the north because I don't know where that is, but I will find more items. Why not? Okay, I'm high-key finding nothing right now. I've used so much of my energy already. Ooh, I just got like a golden idol. What in the heck was that? That might actually sell for a lot. And a bar of soap, a rubber duck, and out of energy again. Okay, we can do like 1 or 2 more cells before lunch break, so I need you to lock in for me. 54, make that 55. Now I have enough to get a better shovel and some more energy, so I'm most definitely gonna do that. All right, come on, guys, come on. Give me that better shovel. Edging shovel. Take my money. And now, shoes, no. Backpack, no. I'll take the cereal for 3. Okay, Martin, I gotta have my tool. Ooh, I almost forgot. Okay, we got like 40 seconds until lunch break. I kind of want to test this shovel out real quick, though. I just want to see how good it is. I'll be fast, I promise. Yeah. Oh, wait, this is actually goated. This shovel is amazing. What? Okay, I can't be down here too long because that guard's about to come up. Yeah, I got 20 seconds. It's fine. I think it's fine at least. Yo, Dirt, I'm gonna need you to go inside that toilet ASAP, bro. ASAP. Remember the name, bro. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. We're chilling. That is a giant shovel. I don't know how they don't see that. Okay, well, I think these items are gonna sell for a lot. We can go bet some of our money and then buy something from the warehouse, and then we are most definitely chilling. Thank you very much. Okay, here. Take your item, bro. I just got $10, and yes, I'll accept your next mission. Whatever. Exchange 100 toilet paper for $10. Wait, what? Oh, I can exchange my toilet paper for money. Yo, most definitely, bro. Thank you. I have $19 now. $19 can get me, oh, this compass. It always leads north. All right, I'm buying that. And I have $4 left. What can I get? Literally nothing except a glow stick and a dynamite. Okay, that's fine. I might as well get my max energy up real quick. I don't think it's actually getting harder. I think I'm just bunned. Yeah. There we go. Max energy increase. Let's do it again. Okay, no, it's most definitely getting harder. I lied. Yeah, this is impossible. Okay, I did it. Oh, whew. 85 max energy. Can I go out here? Wait, gate to the basketball court? Oh, I don't have the key. All right, give me my soup. Thanks, bro. I'm gonna bet some of my toilet paper if that's cool with y'all. All right, middle. It's on the right, I think. Left, middle, left. I think it's left. Yes. All right, let's bet 2. Middle, left, right, middle, right, left. It's left. Yes. 10 toilet paper is enough. Thank you. I'm so surprised the guards cannot see that shovel. That's crazy. Get over here, guard, and come take this stuff I have to offer. 40 for this. All right, I'll just take it. Whatever. Thanks, bro. Okay, what y'all got for me, huh? I have 50 toilet paper. I don't want any of this stuff. No, thank you, bro. I just want to start digging north now that I got this compass. Let's lock in. All right, compass. Oh, wait a second. So this is north right here. Oh, that is so goated. Can I toss an explosive in there? Yeah. Boom. Oh, yeah, that was goated. Wait, hold on. I just got a lot of stuff from that. I'm hitting my head, though. Give me it. Wait, what is this? Another coffin. Oh, I gotta dig you up immediately. I'm getting so much stuff now. Look, I need to get more dynamite. I could probably undig this whole coffin right now and get another key, right? Oh, God. No way I can actually reach all the way out there. Yo, dismantle. Yes. Oh, give me that key. Boom. We unlocked the basketball court now. Oh, and there's more items there. I need it. Okay, whatever. I'll just hold this and we'll go back up. Now I can see why I need to extend the guard time because this is not enough time, bro. Oh, my goodness. Unroll the carpet. Wait, I have so much dirt here. Don't clog. Don't clog. Don't clog. I know the guard is coming. I know. Okay, we're good. Whew, we're chilling. I got a lot of good items. And I got the item for that dude. So, yeah. I'll take everything you got. What's up? 90. Make it 92. Thanks, bro. Okay, now instead of trading with the other prisoners anymore, I'm just gonna go straight to... I can't go to him yet. Okay, let's go to the warehouse. I want to be able to buy some of this stuff. So I'll just do the milk, which will restore my energy. And that's it. That's all I need. Rest of my toilet paper is gonna go to exchanging for money. Let's just keep going north, shall we? Getting a lot of good stuff. The reach of this shovel is insane, too. Oh, yes, I'm seeing a lot of stuff now. If I could actually fit in this tunnel, that would be great game. Let me collect all my items, please, and thank you. Yes. Oh, my goodness. We got so much this time. I definitely need to upgrade my backpack space soon. That's the only thing I really care about right now. But we're out of energy, so let me just place all my items down here. Actually, let me focus on this first so I don't get caught. We can always place our items down whenever we want. The guard won't care, but this stuff he does care about. And now it is all clean. Okay, perfect. Dude, we're making so much now. This is goated. Get over here, guard. Check this out. What you got for me? 71. Make that 72. And I'm gonna increase my backpack space with all this toilet paper. Or I'll just use money. You know what? Yeah, I don't think I want any of this stuff. I want actual dollars so I can buy from here. All of this stuff is so much more OP than anything else. Oh god, guard's coming. I didn't buy any energy. That's my fault. But it's about to be lights out so I can go to bed anyways. It's now time to sleep the night away. Good night. Okay, eat my food. We got a minute 54 and the envelope says, got it. Once you reach 10 meters deep, start digging. Wait, I already know this. Around 15 meters in that direction, you'll reach the abandoned tunnels. Oh, okay, Martin. Well, I have a minute and 41 seconds. So let's just keep digging north then and keep getting some awesome items on the way. Okay, what am I getting stuck on right now? Everything's getting in my way. I need a lighter down here or a glow stick, bro. Can't see nothing. Wait, what in the heck is this? I see a giant. What am I even looking at? Is this a stopper? Do I have to go around you, bro? Oh my god, I probably do. All right, that's fine. Let me just lock in and make sure nothing is seen here. Everything is all clean. Don't you worry about a thing. Wait, hold on. Can I start rhyming? Don't get on here rapping, I'm stacking, making it happen. Sorry. Hello, Mr. Guard. Give me a bunch of money, please. Or toilet paper, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
76. Make that 78. Thank you. Now we got lunch break in about 5 hours. So I'm just going to get some more energy and keep digging. Give me that stuff. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. You to go. I don't need any backpack or nothing. I'm good. Okay, northbound we go now, folks. I'm just going to ignore everything and use all my energy first. They said about 15 meters this way, I'm going to find the exit. So I believe I'm still going the right direction. Also, we got a lot of stuff to pick up. Just use the rest of your energy. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Come on. Can I pick up this stuff? Dude, I can't fit. Brother, why are you doing this to me? I just need that. Oh my god. Whatever. I still got a lot of items. Cleanup time. Unclog the toilet. I got so much toilet paper now that I can use. I'm converting everything into dollars. 86 more. Yes. Thank you, bro. See you later. All right. I'm gonna buy my energy and I might be able to splurge on another backpack. So you know what? 174? I don't know. I feel like I could do without a backpack for now, you know? I don't think I need it. Goodbye. See you later, Mr. Officer. Thank you. All right. 15 meters north. Let's keep going this way. This tunnel is starting to become very thin because stuff's hitting my head, bro. What am I even getting stuck on at this point? Thank you. Okay, our inventory is filling up quick. Now we're getting so much more. Like, look at all this stuff. Okay, I'm just going back up. Lunch break's about to happen, so I'm more worried about that, to be honest. Can I sell all my items before lunch break? Mr. Guard, gonna give me some more toilet paper, please? Yes, yes, sir. Thank you very much. 57, whatever. I'll take 58. Thank you, bro. Now lunch break's happening, so I don't even gotta worry. Can I just come out early? Can I? Oh, I can. Oh, good. Hi, bro. Okay, I have your item. Thanks for the $15, and now I'm gonna raise the stakes. I want to exchange all of my toilet paper for money. We have $56. This is crazy. Oh, this is so goated. Okay, I'm going to the warehouse. I can get prison respect +3 for $20. Or I could get +12 for... Yo, do I even need to expand? Okay, I'm gonna buy the coffee machine because it lets me buy coffee once a day, which will give so much much energy. All right, coffee machine, you go right. You're just gonna go on the ground. I don't even care. Now, what else should I buy? I think I can get probably another prison respect. I have $36 though. Let's max out on all the glow sticks and dynamite, and then 24 bucks. I just barely missed another poster. Okay, we'll get tea. Sure, why not? Place you right there. Now I'm gonna spend $15 on a plant. Thank you. You'll go right there. Now I can drink my tea. Oh, and I can drink my coffee. And he doesn't even care that I got this in here. Thank you, bro. I appreciate the toilet paper. I would use that to buy some stuff, but I don't really need it. I got all the energy that I need. I'm just gonna save up to get this better shovel then. And maybe a bigger backpack. All right, Martins, it's time to continue digging. Let's go. This is gonna be so good. I just gotta go really fast. Okay, glow stick and glow stick. Oh yeah. Now it's time to cook. Yeah. 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 Compass is still leading me this way. How have I not gone 15 meters already? Okay, guard's gonna come back soon, so let me just collect all this good stuff that I just got. We'll just get all the valuable items. I don't really care about the rest. I want that gold ring, but we don't got time. Just give me everything else that's good, whatever. Now the guard's gonna come back, and that's fine, because we have a lot of stuff to sell him. Especially, like, these gold items, bro. That's crazy. And I kind of forgot what that dude needed. I don't really know what to do. 106? I feel like you could do way better than that, bro. Let's do 110, or 108. That works. And I'll see you again in 30 seconds. Yes, sir. All right, you got the stuff, bro. Thank you, Martin. I'll take that. I just want to keep digging the other way. Yes, sir. Okay, northbound we go, folks. My light sticks still here? Yes, they are. Let me dynamite right here. Boom. Oh, wait, that was a glow stick. Oopsies. How in the world have I not dug 15 meters this way already? All this stuff is just floating now. I should probably collect it. Oh, wait, did I find it? Is this it right here? Hello? I'm seeing a wall. What in the Martin? Did I get scammed? Oh, God. I'm out of energy. Bro, if I'm getting scammed here, I'm gonna be so annoyed. At least I got a bunch of floating items and stuff. Yo, I'm stuck in my own tunnel, bro. I could barely see a thing down there. Why am I not seeing where I'm supposed to be at, though? Okay, I'm drinking my coffee. I'm back up to full just like that. Easy. Putting all my stuff down as well. Thank you very much. Yeah, everything's okay, bro. Can you just leave me alone? Jeez. I don't always want to talk to you, bruh. Okay, I got 2 minutes and 13 seconds to keep going north. Although I ran into a wall, and this makes no sense. What am I even looking at? Swear, bro, I'm getting scammed. What is this? Can I go around it? Oh, no, wait. It's like a box. Am I in the corner? Or is this just a giant rock in my way? Oh my God, I ran out of energy. No. I'm so close. The end is near. I know it is. I can feel it. Whatever. We're about to have lights out. So I can restore my energy and I can drink some more coffee and I'm chilling. Okay. How many items we got now? I got so much, bro. Lights are out too, so I can't really do much. I would drink from here, but I cannot. Wait, I can use a mirror? Oh, I didn't even realize that. That's kind of cool. Oh God, I'm going to sleep. Good night. All right, I'm going to eat my food and I'm going to start digging. I checked the old tunnel blueprints. One of the exits should be directly beneath the old auto repair shop on Loop Island. That's a good place to grab a car and escape if there's a chase. Okay, so how do I actually get up there though? Do I have to dig upwards? I still haven't completed dig 15 meters towards the north. I'm not sure how far I've dug so far. Do I go upwards? Help. Yeah, I don't get it, bro. I'm literally boxed in here. Is there an end to this box? Please. Oh my goodness. I'm stuck and the guard's coming back. I'm literally stuck. Oh my God. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Yo, what am I getting stuck on right now, bro? Holy moly. Oh my God. I got a lot of stuff to sell, but I gotta put all this dirt away, bro. Come on. Oh my gosh. Why are you clogging up right now? I definitely need to buy some guard comeback time after this. All right, we're back up to full energy though. Let's sell all this to the guard. He's gonna give me a ton. Hello, sir. No, I'm not up to anything. 158, 164. Take it or leave it. He actually did it. Now I'm gonna have 300. Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, can I buy a better shovel with this? How much did you want again? 435? No way, bro. Yeah, no. I think I'm good. Can I go to the warehouse real quick? I'm gonna get some of these and some of these. Thank you. I just want to explode everything down there because I can't see what I'm trying to dig towards.
All right, goodbye, Mr. Guard. Thank you.
All right, time to go back down.
Yeah.
I need to glow stick this entire place.
Yeah.
You go right there. Okay, cool. Now I'm just throw some dynamites here. Boom. Okay, really? Boom. Bro, am I hitting walls? I'm hitting stuff. What am I even hitting? It was exploding above me? Really? Man, why you do that? I don't get why I'm being blocked off by a wall. Like, this make no sense. This is a huge rock or something.
Boy, if you don't. Okay.
We're almost at lunch break, so I don't even really care. Sell everything. I think I'm just gonna buy a bunch of prison respect next time I go over to the warehouse. 74? Whatever, just take it. Yes. Gimme, gimme. Thank you, bro. And I'm pretty sure this guy wanted like 400 something. Yeah, 435 is crazy, bro. I'm sorry.
Ain't no way am I doing that.
44? Nah, I think I'm good, gang. I'm gonna just wait for lunchtime. I have $3 again. I'm not gonna use any of it. All right, it's lunch break time. Let me go talk to him.
Let me talk to him.
What's up, bro? What's up? Oh, I didn't even accept your mission? Oh, you want to watch? Okay, that's fine. At least I can exchange all my money. Thank you, bro. And then let's exchange the rest of this. Take all of it. Yeah, I don't even care. I got more to sell later. Now I'm gonna just get my soup. Thank you. And let's go back to the warehouse. I have $40 to spend this time. Should I spend it all on prison respect? I feel like that's worth it. And guard comeback time too. I don't know what the sleeping efficiency even really does. Okay, we'll get a poster. 15 bucks. That's not bad. Boom. Place it right there. Okay. We got 2 now. I have $15 so I can get more guard comeback time. Let's do that. All right. Perfect. You can go right there, Mr. Plant. Oh, yeah. Our cell is looking awesome. I don't have a lot of energy this time around, but I think it's chill. I'm not up to anything. Please go away. Thanks, bro. Oh, I should have asked for toilet paper. That's fine. Okay. Let's go back down here. Now we have 2.5 minutes. I'm so glad I bought that. Let's pull out our compass. Okay. So is north supposed to be that way? Or am I following the compass right? Because I honestly got no idea. They're putting so many random items in my way. And I got no more energy anymore, bro. Oh, this is so annoying. Here you go, bro. I want to give you all my stuff. 39. Oh, that's so buns. Whatever. I'll take it. At least I can get some more energy. Okay, $2 for the cereal. Yes, please. And how much is this now? $3.75. Honestly, that's not bad. These prices are so much better. And the guard's coming. All right, fine. At least my prison respect is up, so that's fine. I feel like I've been digging north for so long, and it's just wasting my time right now. Guys, remind me to buy some dynamite next time we come down here, and some glow sticks so I can actually see. This is so annoying. Am I seeing another wall? I can barely, like, tell. Oh my goodness, and I'm out of energy. Yo, ain't no way I ran into another wall. And is stuff despawning if I don't pick it up? Wait, I could have sworn I collected way more. Give me 76 for all my stuff. No, you know what? 78. Ah, failed? Okay, whatever, bruh. Just give me that. See you later. So it just gives me less money if I get denied from him. That's fine. Let me just get some more energy real quick. Thank you. Let me go get a glow stick, please. That's all I need. Thank you very much. I want to go back to digging, bro. Oh my god. About to be lights out and everything. Okay, let me finally see in here. Ugh. Oh, yes. Yeah, I knew it. I hit another wall. Is there just no escape? Like, do you want me to go upwards? Is that what you want, game? Oh, I gotta watch. Wait, what? I can't even go upwards. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta be missing something. What am I missing here, guys? Am I just stupid? What is this? Rocks? And it's lights out. All right, I'm going. I'm going. I am so confused, gang. All right, guys, we made it to day 8, but I think I'm gonna end it there because there's a lot more to this game, and it's gonna take way more than one episode of this to complete. So if you want to see more, leave a like, and part 2 will be coming soon. I promise you guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today, me and my friends played Ultimate Chicken Horse, where everybody starts at the beginning, and your goal is to make it to the finish line. But you all have to place platforms to help you make it across. You can also place traps to stop other people from going. And if you make the level too hard, then sometimes it's impossible to make it to the finish line. So let's see who can reach the end first and who can get the most trap kills. Okay, we're on the farm map, and there's the start, there's the goal. We all gotta pick a structure that we're gonna place, and I guess I'll pick this thing.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna place mine over here, right next to the goal.
Really, bruh?
Where can I put mine?
I'm not really sure what any of these platforms do, to be honest, so we're gonna figure it out.
Me either.
Wait, how do I put this? Aha!
I think Zoe just put ice down. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go. Make it to the end.
Get there, bro.
Here, boom!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I did it.
Yes, buddy.
Okay, that wasn't too hard.
Yay!
But now we're gonna get to pick more items. It was too easy, so no points. Wow.
What's happening now? Oh.
So they hate us.
We gotta place more things. Okay, Martin, really?
Ooh, I learned how to rotate.
Can I place this in the middle of my other structure? Boom. All of us are placing down traps. Wait a second.
All right, I think it worked.
I see spikies. I don't like that.
Spike.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Wait, what is that thing?
What?
Well,
Mia's dead. Whoa!
they died. Yo. Okay. Get me up here.
Bro, it's been moving weird now.
Hey, bruh.
What? Okay, really?
I think it killed us.
Oh my gosh.
So that little spinny thing with the spikes on it just slips on you and you die.
It's stuck to it, bro.
And now we're adding more? Okay.
Wait.
Someone take that cannon.
Oh.
Ooh, that cannon could be nice.
I'll take it.
Oh. All right, where do I want to place this? I guess I'll place it right here. Boom. Okay, I see that little cannon you place, Zoe.
Will it work?
I like it. Let me up. Yes.
Let me up, please.
Yes.
Let me up. Let me up.
I made it. Oh my goodness. Are y'all gonna make it?
Get me up there.
Let me up.
Are y'all gonna make it?
No.
Wait. Oh, Shady actually. Oh, that was clutch. I just watched Shady do that.
Yay! Oh, what?
Zoe.
I was up there. I got pushed.
You gotta time it, Zoe.
Hold space.
No, you lie. You lie.
No, yeah, it makes you higher.
Oh, what?
Oh my goodness. Too easy again. So at least one person needs to die for us. Okay, I get it now.
Nah, I'm good, bro. This ain't a lie.
If all of us complete it, nobody gets points.
Slippery.
I'm gonna block this off.
No!
Boom.
So you hate me.
No. Okay. Go up. Oh my goodness, that cheese is sticky. Yes, I know my pathway. Boom.
No! Bro, I'm a dead squirrel.
Oh, thank goodness.
Let's go.
Let's go. Does that mean we finally get points?
Oh, man.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Martin. Time to make this a little harder on us.
I will choose this crossbow. Oh, I see. I see. I'll place it right there at the end.
Bro,
Good luck, everybody.
you messed up my cannon? Really?
Mia.
Wait,
That is just not
Dude.
cool. Oh, whoa.
you can't. Oh, I got shot by my own arrow.
Bro.
I actually dodged it somehow. And everybody died.
I don't like that.
That was literally COD timing, bruh.
Holy moly. Let's go. Mia got 2 trap kills.
I killed myself to it.
Okay, I'll do another bow. Why not? Zoe, you gotta pick. Oh, nah.
I'm flying. I was burping.
Okay, this gets really complicated really quickly. Let's do
I don't know what to do here.
one of these. Did somebody just blow up all of our stuff?
Yes.
Oh, damn.
Nah.
Honestly, thank you for blowing up that bow. That was terrible. Wait, how do I place it down? Hello?
Oh, you gotta place it on something. All right, get me away from that. I placed an arrow trap at the bottom. I don't want to die to my own trap. Oh, no. I fell on a spike.
Oh, gosh.
Yo.
Get spiked. What?
What? How in the world did you survive that?
No way.
No way.
She literally got spiked, bruh.
No, y'all are catching up.
That is ridiculous.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Bomb? Oh, yo. I think I just took the atomic bomb.
I'm gonna get this thing.
What is this?
Oh, that's a bomb.
What if I just place this in the middle? Oh my goodness. That's gonna explode everything.
Boop.
Oh, nah.
Well, now you guys gotta find your own way up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, really? Really? Who placed that?
Let me down. Yes, I made it. Oh my goodness. Zoe died. Yo, did Shady just get crushed?
Yo, what just happened, bro?
Oh! Give me up!
And Mia made it. How in the world you do that?
Your trap killed everyone.
I had 2 trap kills?
Zoya has no points. You hear me? None.
Nah, Zoe.
This makes me upset.
All right, I'm gonna place one of these. Boom.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, is that a punching? Oh, nah. What is that? All right, get me up here. I think I already killed Zoe.
Dude.
Yo.
Are you kidding me? I didn't jump it. I just kidding. You're overkilling me.
Oh, okay.
Really?
Go up.
Shady and I are just dying here.
Yes! I don't even know how I won that. Oh my goodness.
Come on.
This is fine.
Let's go. I think I won. I crossed the line.
I don't like this.
I'm the ultimate horse. Well, I am technically a horse.
Oh, whatever.
Let's go. Okay, now that we know how the game works, we're on a new map called Rooftops. And we all gotta pick our items. Let's go.
I want it.
Okay.
Boop. I don't know what I just did.
Did me and Shady get the same item? Y'all see that?
Yeah, I think we did.
Oh.
Yo, Zoe, I'm gonna have to ask you to swap me, bro. The sheep blends in with the map for real.
No, I like my raccoon.
Oh no, it's like a sunset.
Yeah, but you're buns. Ay!
Oh, okay. Well, the glue kind of sticks you.
You can't jump off of it.
I'm gonna jump right as it gets to the end. Watch. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Next one.
Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi.
Yeah, let me just move over here to the side.
Excusez-moi.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait a second. These platforms move at the same time, don't they?
Yeah, you can easily make it though.
You gotta get to that barrel.
All right, let's see if I can make it to that barrel. Get me over there. Yeah. And jump. Oh, yes, sir. I did it. Oh, let's go.
Whatever, dude.
I got my dub before it got hard. Okay, now I will pick this glue thing.
What is this door?
I have no idea. I'm gonna play something that makes it a little easier here, or maybe something that makes it hard here. It's like a little glue thing. And we got a punching glove at the start. Hey, yo.
Please don't hurt. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
Really?
We gotta lock in. We can't miss this jump.
What is that? Don't punch. Do not punch me.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, why?
Ooh, just barely. Oh, okay.
Bro.
Are you serious?
Really, dude?
I fumbled that. What am I doing?
Why did I jump so high? It was sticky, bruh.
Let's get one of these.
Hmm.
Did you just pick a cannon, Mia? I saw that.
No, I didn't.
I saw it. I'm gonna watch where you place that thing.
Let me see.
Okay, Martin. Boom.
Dude!
I'm gonna block your cannon. I block. Oh, what?
You just wasted it!
Why is there a spike ball?
Also, how do we get by? Who's the genius that put this at the start?
Boom! Oh my goodness, look where I landed. Guys. Oh, I'm stuck.
Martin, how do I do this now? Ow!
Oh.
Wowzers.
Zoya's just trying to live.
I died to my own swinging wrecking ball.
Wowzers, dud.
Bruh. I made it to the cannon, though. It was kind of goated. I think I just picked up the teleporter.
Ooh, that would be sick.
Okay, let's see what it does. I'm gonna place it right here.
And then you know what? I'm
Boom.
gonna build a staircase.
A staircase backwards?
Boom.
Ah.
I'll help.
Yeah, my goat.
Get me out of here, bro.
I see now.
Thank you, Shady.
Oh,
Why, bro?
guys, look at me.
Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Oh.
Okay, what in the world is that? Is that a door? Boom.
I don't know what it does.
I'm scared to go through it, but I made it at least.
Dude.
Oh my goodness.
So annoying.
Black hole.
Ooh, teleporter.
Wait, what?
What is that?
I assume it's a teleporter. I don't know.
We have 3. Oh, nah, Martin.
Here, I'm gonna put one at the end. Let's see what it does.
Okay, I'm gonna put one right here. Boom.
Okay, Zoe, you test it. Jump in it.
Where did it take you?
I ain't doing that. Stay.
Oh no, Martin. Ugh.
How do I get by this?
I may have died.
Bro, how do we even live this?
Oh my goodness, how are you alive right now? What? What the Martin?
I can't see.
Oh.
Oh, I couldn't see.
Okay, I know I need to put a platform there. I need to grab one if I see it here. Yeah, okay, spiky will work.
What is this?
There's an atomic bomb you can pick, Zoe.
Bam.
What in the world?
Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm trying this.
Is that a robot?
No!
Yo,
Yes, I lived!
ain't no way. Okay, hop the spike.
Please.
Boom, boom. Okay.
Wait, this is the farthest I've gone.
Come on. No! No!
Yeah, I made it.
Hello?
Oh, what? Shady's on a paper airplane.
How?
What, I just unlocked an outfit for Zoe?
Thank you.
What?
That's my go.
Oh my goodness. I gotta lock in and win this last round. I have to, I must.
What is this?
Water.
Oh, it shoots Vasa.
Boom. Oh, I might have messed that up.
I'm gonna place this right here. Uh-huh, yes.
Cash, really?
Sorry, bro.
You put us in a box.
Why is there...
Guys, you go here.
Oh, okay. I'm just using my cannon. Thank you.
Oh my.
Not there.
No! It teleported me back. Look at Shady, bro.
Dude.
Just enjoying the world.
Dude.
I'm just flying.
Bruh.
No.
He has a free ticket all the way to the end. Oh.
I hate this game, bro. Like, I can't see anything, bro.
I don't know why it zoomed in on you.
Oh my.
Yeah, that made it impossible. Oh, bomb.
Oh, stairs. Finally. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna place this right above so you know where to drop.
And out of spite,
Boom.
How do we even get out of here?
I'm going up on that paper airplane.
Okay. Right here. Okay, we gotta get in the teleporter, Zoya, and then we get out of here.
No.
I gotta break it, bro.
Why?
Bro.
Why would you do that to us, man?
Why you do that, bro?
Cause, guys, it'd be too easy.
Oh, I just die. All right.
All right, let me lock in. Cannonball.
I am just upset.
Yes. I made it.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, thank gosh.
Man, if my paper airplane, if I wouldn't have dropped on that black hole, I would have won probably.
Yeah, that black hole. Who placed that?
Boing.
I thought it was a teleporter.
Oh, that was Mia. All right, it's time to pick our items again. I just picked a barrel, I guess.
I got a wheel.
And I'm gonna place it just right here.
Oh, wait, you could use your... Oh, this is so weird.
What did you get? A stone?
I just got a stone. But I just found out that you could use, like, your keyboard a little bit, too.
Oh.
The mo-
Oh, nah. Zoe, you fell.
Zoe, you survived?
Why is she alive?
Bro, how do I even win this?
I don't know.
You gotta hold space to jump out.
Well,
Yikes.
I don't think Zoe had a way to get up there.
There was no way for Zoe to win.
Okay, we gotta place more platforms in between then. Wait, I'm gonna get a trap actually. And I go to place it right here. Wait, I'm gonna make it hard so you don't go too far. Nah, Bo.
There we go.
Oh, she blocked it. Okay.
I blocked his trap.
Oh, I'm blowing that up. I'm blowing that up, Mia.
The bow.
Wait, why? I blocked his trap.
Okay, go. Go.
You can't get us now.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, come on. How did I still get it?
Let me up.
You still died to his trap?
Dude.
That's what you get for blocking it.
I'm blocking it again.
La 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 la.
Oh.
Oh.
Zoe.
Oh, yeah.
She died to the spikes.
Zoe.
Sorry.
Shady's getting ahead right now. I gotta lock in. What is a flower?
He can't be winning.
I wanted that.
Sorry, bro. I stole it.
Guys, I just want some items.
I'm adding a chill little flower. He's a little Martin, okay?
Oh, it's so peaceful.
What does it do?
I don't know, but I see a hawk. Oh. Yo, what?
Bro, I got turned into spaghetti.
What the skibbity? I don't want to die.
What is that?
Okay, well, I fell to the bottom.
You can land on the ground?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I saw Zoe do it a couple times. Here. Hello, Mr. Flower. Ouch.
How do I not get hit by that?
I made it.
Wait, what? What?
Oh my goodness.
No way, bro.
Oh my goodness, Mia actually made it. Zoe, you have no point.
Zoe has 0 points for the entire round. This entire video, Zoe has 0 points.
Really? You haven't made it to the finish line once?
I am upset.
50,000 on my head, I can't accept. All right, I'm gonna place this up here.
What is this?
Boom. Wait.
What is that, Shady?
Why is there a cannon facing downwards?
Stop!
I'm gonna let you guys go first.
Oh my gosh, it's shooting my thing. Look.
No. Okay.
Oh!
Yeah.
I was about to die.
Dude, this
Okay. Whoa, why was I standing there?
Oh my god. I cannot explain to you how bad the timing is on this game for me.
Oh! Nice.
Actually, like, it's so annoying.
Oh, is Mia gonna do it? Almost.
Oh my gosh, this is impossible. Can I just like jump up through here?
Wait, no, I think I blocked it with that barrel.
Really?
Spam it.
Yeah, you definitely can't. Unless, yeah, spam jump.
Yeah, you're gonna die to that like bar.
Come on. I'm.
Try to land on the block.
Ah!
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's too far.
Please give us a bomb next round. Oh my goodness. Oh.
No, dude, that cannon is like the worst. Go forward. Oh my gosh, dude. You know what?
How are you alive?
I'm done.
Oh, she gave up. Okay.
Rage quit.
We definitely got to remove some of the stuff at the beginning. Please give me a bomb. Give me... no bomb. Okay, it's okay.
Stairs.
What is this?
We can create new platforms. I'm going to put one up here. I feel like it'll help. Boom. There we go.
Okay, Martin, let's go.
I know my parkour strat. Oh, no. Guys, I got shot into the hockey puck.
Ugh.
Oh my, who plays this? I'm upset at you!
Yo, is the flower gonna, like, swing, bro? Like, what happens?
I don't know. It swung at me, but I didn't die.
Dude, yeah, like, it literally... It hit, like, all of you, and then you guys didn't die.
Just go fast. Oh, he got it.
Martin, no.
No. Oh my goodness. He's actually like right there.
Oh my god.
That was so close.
Okay, we got a go. I got a fan.
Was that a bomb?
I don't know.
Boom.
I don't know. I don't think there was a bomb.
Fire.
Okay. I'm gonna place this right over here. Boom. Maybe that'll work. Maybe it won't.
Maybe this will help. I don't know.
Oh no, not a spiky.
Dude, it's not even letting me put it.
It has to attach to something.
Oh, oh yeah.
Okay, there we go. Let's move. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Flower, please be nice.
No!
Oh gosh.
Bro, what is the timing on this game?
Da, na, da, na, na.
You're not.
Da, na, na.
You are not gonna make that jump. Oh my goodness.
Are you serious, bro?
Okay. Let me lock in. Give me a bomb. Oh, atomic bomb. I got it.
Yes, Martin.
Okay, atomic bomb. I'll get rid of
Please. No, not my stairs. Not my stairs. Come on, the flower. Get rid of the flower.
the flower. I'm gonna get rid of this.
You know you want the flower gone. No.
Although, wait, I can't make it too easy though.
No, the flower, please.
All right, I'm getting rid of this.
Okay, you'll hate me.
I feel like that might have made it too easy though.
That's what you get.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's see if I can still lock in with my strat over here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Spikes?
Oh my cheese.
Why? Yes.
Oh,
I made it. Wait, is Zoe and Mia both gonna make it too? No. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
that was close.
No, everyone's gonna make it.
No, bro.
Oh yeah.
No points?
Bro!
Yeah, save.
Okay, spikies, give me that.
Boom.
Why didn't y'all just die?
Boom. No.
I placed spikies.
I don't know what to do with this. This thing is so useless.
I placed little Martin spikes. Okay, let me think about how I want to go.
Oh, what?
Oh, she died. Whoa, oh no, oh my god.
Whoa, what just happened there? Okay.
Okay, I gotta make this jump. Yeah, get me out. Okay, this is good. I gotta like parkour this. Yeah.
Oh, God.
I think if Shady finishes, he wins. That was his trap kill.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, oh my god.
Bro, I can't go anywhere, bro.
But if he actually clutches this, then I will take the loss.
Can I touch the barrel, bro?
I don't think so.
I don't think you can, no.
Hooked it!
Oh, I see what he's trying to do. He's trying to get up there.
Dude, what? This is impossible.
Oh, it's opening. Okay, there we go. Oh, now he's making it. Wow.
No way.
Oh,
He actually found it.
that was so clutch.
Wow.
Okay, you know what? GG. I could not figure that one out.
I'm off the screen.
Boy, he went off the page. You're the ultimate sheep.
That was difficult. Sheep dance.
All right, we're back on rooftops. I'm gonna get the coin.
I wanted the coin.
I'm pretty sure it gives you points if you collect it. So one of us is gonna get it. Coin will be right here. If you're the fastest, you will get it. I just gotta go quick. Yo, Shady, you're off the screen.
I know. I'm waiting for Mrs. Raccoon here.
Hey, I'm just a girl.
Robot.
Hey!
Oh, I see.
What if I'm working on something?
Wait, no, that's gonna be impossible, Shady. You gotta place it. You gotta place it at the end. What is that? What is that? I'm jumping for it. Oh my goodness. Did y'all just see that?
Yeah, dude, I knew it wasn't impossible, but how did I miss that jump?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm the goat!
I can't believe I actually made that. Let's go. I got the coin too. That gives so many points. Oh, nah, I'm getting the hockey stick.
I want the door.
Hockey puck, I want you to go this way. Boom. There we go. Okay, really? The bouncy thing, right? No, what did I just do? Wait.
Be careful.
Oh, wait.
Shady's doing something. I don't even know if it works.
Wait a second, Martin. Wait. I found Shady's strategy. Yes, please.
Oh, Zoe should have fell.
Yeah, let's go.
Zoya's just a girl, and she follows.
Is that your first win?
No, second now, I think. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, Martin.
This is my redemption arc.
Oh, another coin. Dubs.
What can... Ooh.
All right, I'm gonna place the coin up here. Boom. Hey, yo.
Oh my gosh, that is scary.
Hey, yo. Okay, hold on. Let me lock in.
Hey?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I am close to the door!
Oi.
Give me the coin. No.
Yeah, so you can't really jump on the airplane.
Are we dead? We're dead.
Oh, you can't jump on the airplane.
Wait, why?
It breaks.
You just can't.
It breaks. Is that a dynamite? I saw that.
Oh, I saw that. Nobody grabbed it.
Martin, toilet.
Here, maybe we could have this as like a help.
I don't think that'll help.
Like if it breaks, you can jump onto it, you know?
Get off of me, bro. You're too big.
No, black hole.
Big chicken.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Dude.
Did I just break that?
Dude.
So we got onto here?
I can still make it.
Now jump off the wall.
Wait a second. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna try that.
Go, please.
Yeah.
I think I still got first, so I get point. Oh, never mind. We all made it.
No point.
Yeah, we all made it.
No. Wrecking ball. Give me that.
Yeah.
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 I'm gonna put that right here. Y'all better watch out.
What you gonna do about that? Huh?
Nutting.
That's what I thought.
Nutting.
You're gonna fumble.
I have a strat.
Yeah.
I think I know what I'm doing.
Yo, what just happened?
Never mind. It pushes me. Okay. Hold on. Let me lock in. No. Let me back up. I died to my own trap.
Bro, how am I supposed to make this, bro?
I wonder if I still get points for it. Oh, no.
Yo, chat. All right.
Yeah, that black hole is a menace. Give me a bomb. Yes, dynamite. Yes, I will take it.
Ooh, what does this do?
I need to get rid of this fan.
Oh, that just goes straight into the black hole. Come on.
Boom.
Wait, what? Yo, remove the black hole. No, the other one.
Nah, it's too easy.
No.
Remove the spike for the airplane.
Wait, does that even remove stuff?
It does. It's just small though.
Just do it for the funsies. Come on.
Let's go. Yeah.
La, 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 la.
I swear, if I die, bro, I cannot die.
Wait, why do I have a jetpack?
You took my jetpack, Mia! Oh my gosh!
Wait, what? Ain't no way.
How do I get down?
Wait, did you win first?
I don't even know how that works.
I think you got first.
No, you took it from me, bro.
I was just trying to go to a lower level.
Bro.
Yo, why is this so zoomed in on me, gang?
I don't know.
Love that.
Does that give you a jetpack? Look, you got one.
Wait, what?
Oh, bet.
You just get a free jetpack?
Let's go.
I guess so.
I didn't get it. Martin.
We gotta blow that up. That is way too OP.
Martin. I'll take a platform. Why not?
Here, I'll put that so we can't get it anymore.
No, you know what? I'll blow up your blow up.
What? You better not.
You think I won't run the timer out? You think I won't either? I'm committed.
You better not.
Oh my gosh. You know what? No one can have it. Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
No door.
Okay, really? Really, bro?
Okay, why'd we do that?
Yeah.
Why'd we do that? Oh,
Yeah.
run.
Dude, oh my.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god!
Wait. Wait. Is this the strat?
Ow.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, just finish the game, bro.
Wait, no.
It's over.
No.
It's over, bro.
Okay, hold on. No, I want it. I want the coin.
Gosh, you're literally gonna die.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Give me that coin. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I got the coin. Yes. Oh, I didn't even need it.
Why would you get the coin?
And the coin gives you so much.
Yeah, I know. That's insane. You're the ultimate horse.
Whatever.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Today, my friends were terrified playing Phasmophobia, so we decided to enter a haunted mansion and try and figure out the ghost that we were dealing with. Your goal is to get as much evidence as possible and then try and guess the correct ghost type. You gotta do all this while making sure you don't die. Who's ready to enter this mansion, which is apparently haunted?
Me.
Me!
Okay, let's do it.
This is just creepy.
We need to get as much evidence as possible, so I'm gonna grab a microphone to try and listen to it.
Okay.
And then an EMF reader and a flashlight.
Oh yeah. Wait, what's the goals? Let's see. Forgot.
It says capture a photo of the ghost, average sanity, and detect paranormal sound with the microphone.
Bet. We got that on lock.
All right.
Gary Knight.
Where's the fuse box? It's probably in the basement, if I were to guess.
Basement.
Yep. All right. Let's turn on the fuse box, and then I'm gonna listen to see if I hear any ghosts.
What is Blood's name again?
Gary Knight.
Gary Knight. Yo, I don't know where the fuse box is. Am I tweaking?
In the basement, to the left. Yep, you're walking straight towards it.
Oh. All right. Fuse box is on. Let's see if we hear anything. Gary Knight.
Ooh. Wait. Shine the UV light on this door right here on the little handle.
On the handle.
Martin.
What is going on here?
You just shine on the little door handle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Because this door was creaked open. Oh, look what's in the closet.
What?
What?
What did you find?
No.
No, I'm not playing that game.
Ouija board? Yes!
I'm not.
All right, we can contact the ghost.
All right, let's go find the room first.
I have my limit.
If we place it down, will it automatically spawn the thing on the room?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, look in here, bro.
What?
Holy smokes.
Ew.
They took out his entire rib cage.
There's a rib cage. Okay, Farton.
Did you have any luck upstairs?
I didn't go upstairs.
Okay, yeah, let's go try it out.
Ooh, if the water's on, it's probably in the bathroom.
Water is on.
All right, really? That doesn't count as an interaction?
Oh, it's on the pop, but the dots. It's on the dot.
It was hunting. I don't think that counts.
Okay.
Where did it start hunting at?
Right here. It was standing right here.
EMF's at 3.
Is that...
Oh, 4?
That sounds like
Oh, it's at 5. It's at 5.
5? Okay, bet.
Okay, we got EMF 5. Everybody put it down in their evidence.
Did it just throw something?
Yeah, the toothpaste is on the ground now.
Oh, it is? Mm-hmm. All right, let me take a photo of that.
I'm gonna go get a spirit box and a thermometer.
Bro, why didn't they count, bro?
Does anybody already have a spirit box or thermometer?
No.
Okay.
What about writing book or UV?
Nope.
We have UV.
I have just dots.
Did you ever hear anything on the paranormal?
No.
Okay, I'm taking the Ouija board upstairs.
I'm gonna go put the writing book up there. Okay, writing book, you will go right here. Nah. What was that?
There's a handprint.
Oh, a UV. Are you here with us? Can you show us a sign? I'm scared.
What do you want?
Oh, wait. Turn off all your flashlights.
Oh,
Wait, it's writing. It's writing.
Bro, it's typing kill.
kill?
After I said that.
Oh, nah. Turn off your flashlight. Are you here with us? Can you show us a sign?
Are you friendly?
Yes?
I think it said, are you here? You asked if you're here with us. Do you want us to leave? I think it said yes again. Are you angry?
Oh, my breath is showing.
Can we stay?
What should we do? Do we hear any noises on the thing yet?
No.
Okay, someone should hold it so we hear it.
All right, turn off your flashlight real quick. Close this door. Turn on this light. Show us a sign. Temperatures are dropping.
Ask her what her name is.
What is your name?
Not talking anymore.
Well, rude.
Wait, I think it likes people who are alone, right?
I mean, it was speaking on the Ouija board when we were all here.
Think it more alone.
Oh no.
What?
Daddy.
What? It was in the bathtub.
It was taking a little bath.
It just popped up on me.
Oh.
Okay, well, no ghostwriting.
How many people are here?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
It got angry.
Well, there goes the miner.
It broke the Ouija board.
Dead.
Miner's dead. I'm dead. Making a lot of weird sounds. Oh, it's gonna kill someone. Oh no.
Oh, it's a pig! Oh!
Oh my, what was that?
Shady's dead. Mia, you might have to leave.
That was eerie.
That thing was aggressive.
Yeah, Mia, just get out. Just get out.
Mole mole.
Okay, so no ghostwriting, EMF, ultraviolet. It didn't get down to freezing temps, no?
I don't think so. Did we check for ghost orb ever? I don't think we did.
No, we didn't.
We didn't.
I had my camera turned on my head, but nobody was in the car.
I don't think anybody was at the truck.
Yeah,
Bro, honestly, it could be Obake, bro.
Did we see the handprint? Did it have 6 fingerprints?
I had 5.
5.
I'm gonna go Goryo, bro.
Oreo?
I think I'm gonna go Jin for this one.
Okay.
Why Jin?
Because we were close to freezing temps, and apparently it cannot directly turn off the fuse box. I don't know if the lights were still working in there, but we could just guess different things.
Okay.
Lock it in?
Everybody click J and click the ghost name.
All right, I'm doing Goryo.
All right.
I'm locking up.
At least one of us should get it right, I think.
Right.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Obake?
It wasn't Obake, bro.
No!
I always do that.
Mia, you said it had 5 fingerprints.
I always do that.
I'm pretty sure it was 5. I looked at it.
Oh, no.
Looked like a normal hand.
All right, we're running this back. Jennifer Norris is somewhere inside this mansion.
Alrighty.
I need to make sure to put my headgear on and actually turn it on this time. That's what I forgot to do.
Okay, yeah, turn your guys' headgear on. I am going to look for ghost orbs in this car.
Okay, where's the fuse box?
The fuse box is... Okay, so it's to your left. When you walk in that room, go left.
Garage?
Yep, and then left again. Perfect.
All right, fuse box is on. It's a red truck in here. Oh, nice. All right, let's start listening.
Level 6 activity. Not too sure why.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, I think... Did somebody crack this door open?
No. Here, let me take a photo of it.
Oh, I think I heard another door open.
Dude, there's... Oh, it was this one.
It looks like there's a handprint on the door.
Let me see. Where at? Wait, I'm not seeing it.
Are you getting EMF reading though? Oh, there it is. Look, he's shining it on it.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
See it? See it?
All right, it's got 5 fingers, EMF 3.5. No EMF 5 yet. I'm gonna keep the EMF out though, just in case.
So it's got to be in the bathroom, right? Since the handprint's there?
Maybe.
What even is that?
I don't know. I'm gonna check EMFs again though.
Oh, I hear it. Yeah, it's definitely the bathroom. It made noise in there.
EMF 5. Oh, get me out.
Okay.
I need to go grab some more stuff. Okay, we got EMF 5. We got UV.
Okay.
All right. And it also is in the bathroom, by the way. We're sure.
This is exactly what we had last round.
Oh, no.
Okay, it didn't have 6 fingerprints, so I don't think it's an obake.
Watch it be an obake.
And then we gotta check the dots through the camera. So Mia, can you see my camera?
Yes, I switched over. Yeah, okay, I see.
Okay, I'm gonna keep the dots out. Let me know if you see it.
Okay.
If it's hunting though, then it doesn't count. You seeing anything, Mia?
Doesn't look like I see it.
Oh, there was a handprint on this door.
It'll only appear on the video camera, so you gotta make sure to look closely.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Did we check temperatures yet?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, also look for ghost orbs.
Okay.
I'm gonna get writing book and thermometer. Thermometer's already low.
What do I have?
What?
What is that?
I have like a glowing mirror.
Wait, it's showing you something.
I'm looking at it.
Is that the ghost?
Is that the POV of the ghost?
It broke the mirror.
It's hunting.
I put incense. Hide.
Oh, somebody's dead.
Baby's dead.
Shady's dead?
Yeah. Went right after them.
No dots, Mia?
No dots.
No ghost orbs?
It's hard to see with the dots on.
Okay.
Wait, isn't it in the bathroom though?
Oh my.
I'm scared. I don't like you. Oh, I just dodged it. Okay, I don't think it's freezing temps. I don't think it's dots.
I think it's Jen.
Mia, go in with that dots projector.
Where?
I dropped it on the ground. If I don't see anything, then it probably is a djinn.
Actually, no. I'm wrong. I accidentally crossed it.
Turn your headgear on, Mia.
Oh, I don't have that on. Grabbing it.
I think it's definitely Goryo, bro.
I want to see it on the dots if it is.
It's on.
You need to check it on the camera.
All right.
Because the Goryo is the one that can be seen through the camera.
Yeah, that's what we've been trying to do. Are you looking up, Mia? Oh, there we go.
You see?
Yeah. Can you look down a little?
Yeah, sorry, it's on my head, so.
What is?
The headgear, so like the aiming is gonna be weird.
Oh, okay.
It's hunting.
Go to the kitchen, Mia.
It's not hunting, it just closed the door on us.
Did Mia die? Mia's headgear turned off. Wait. Oh, no.
I turned it off, it can track me.
Oh, it can. Oh, no.
It's just crawling. It's weird.
What was the temperature that you got?
Just check his body real quick. I'm not sure if ghost orbs even show up on the headgear. Maybe it has to be through a video camera.
It's hunting again.
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, no. Mia, just walk up to it and say hi. Video camera's not showing anything. I placed it in such a weird position. I should have angled it at the bathroom. This video camera's buns. Oh, I see it crawling. Oh. Is that a ghost orb right there?
Are we good?
No, it's not.
Come on.
Not seeing it on the dots. You might have to go towards the bathroom. Oh, no. Oh, it's yo. And it knocked over my camera. Really, bruh?
Rude.
Are you serious?
I'm alive because I'm the goat. Okay, I can't even get near the bathroom. It's just gonna keep coming for me. Wait, we might have to crucifix it.
Yeah, bring a incense in there and a crucifix.
I think we should go with Obake.
I think so too.
Obakes have guaranteed UV. Oh, it's hunting again. Oh, no. Activity's still at 10. Word. You can leave now. Let's just guess Obake and go. I think that's our best bet.
Oh my gosh, that thing hunts for so long.
Wait.
I'm gonna say Obake. That thing was aggressive.
Did we check temps? Was it ever freezing?
Yeah, it was always very high up.
Is that what Obake is?
Even in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, temps were so high. They were not even close.
I'm gonna go Goryo.
All right.
I think it's Goryo.
Let's do it. One of us should get it right. I hope. It was
Come on, please.
a Goryo.
Seriously? How?
Shady got it. We just couldn't see it on the dots. It was very hard. Maybe you have to do it through a video camera instead of headgear.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
I think that's what it has to be.
That's so weird though.
This one's name is Thomas Shawcross. Responds to everyone, and the fuse box is in the first floor, all the way in the back right. So let's go.
All right, let's do it.
All right, far back right.
What's its name again?
All right, fuse box is on. I don't know its name.
Its name is Thomas Shawcross.
Thomas Shawcross. What a dumb name.
That is an awful name.
No offense to any Thomases out there. We're just trying to make the ghost mad.
Not Thomas.
promise.
Yeah, no offense. I'm just trying to get the ghost all riled up.
Yo, there's a bunch of poop in this mop bucket. Nasty.
I'm hearing it already.
Oh.
I think it's going upstairs.
EMF's at 3.5. Oh, let's try this boot. It moved to this boot.
Yeah, there's like kind of high activity.
I'm seeing my breath. It's not at 5 though.
What room is that?
Dining room.
Ooh, bringing the cam.
All right, you're bringing it?
Yeah.
I'll bring some more stuff. I'll bring the video camera and the DOS projector and set it up.
I have the video camera.
All right, I'll bring the DOS projector and the spirit box and a writing book.
I will need to be led around. We are on a flashlight shortage.
It's okay, right here. Just go to the left. It's moving that boot around. Are you here with us? What is your name? Oh, turn off your flashlight.
Well, come on! I just placed the camera!
Well, Mia died. Are you here with us?
Embedded.
Show me a sign.
Killed her already?
Tell me your name. Tell me your name. What is your name?
Promise.
Turn on the lights. What's the temperature?
Oh no, I'm looking.
Do we have a UV light?
I don't know.
Temperature's at 5.
Bro.
Oh, baby died.
Shady's dead?
Okay, one thing to note, it is so quiet when it's hunting. So quiet.
Yeah. Also, I want to say it's freezing temps because it got very close.
Oh, he's gonna murder you. Just get out the house, bro.
Okay, the miner's dead already. I need to get out. This guy is so aggressive. Holy moly. Go in there and tell me if the writing book gets hit or something.
All right.
Or the ghost box. I'm gonna check that camera for ghost orbs as a last sacrifice. Anything on the writing book or spirit box?
Nope.
Yeah, what evidence do we even have right now?
None.
None, bro. Oh wait, it okay, so it wrote on the book.
Okay, it wrote on the book?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad we waited for that. I'm gonna say it's a revenant for this one. I'm kind of gonna go for like a Hail Mary here. Everyone got their ghost?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go miling.
I'm miling.
All right, let's close it. Let's see if maybe it is a revenant somehow.
A dub. Hopefully one of us get it. Dang.
Oh.
A demon.
It was a demon?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, he just said we're going in blind. This one's named Ella Norris, and it responds to people who are alone.
What does it mean when he says we're going in blind?
Yeah.
He said that there's nothing to note about the ghost.
Oh, okay.
So we're starting off with no info.
Sickening.
Nice.
Okay, where's the fuse box on this map?
In the basement.
Holy smokes.
Where?
Just a guy's skull on the ground right there.
Oh, I forgot to grab a third item. I didn't get my microphone.
Is the fuse box on?
But fuse box is on.
Oh, there we go. I turned on the TV.
Okay, make sure to close all the doors. We can check for UVs better. Okay, let's get the microphone and let's get a book and a spirit box.
What is that?
Where? Do we have any suspicions of where it is?
The basement? Oh, look. The monkey hand.
Oh, nah.
Okay. What should we do with it?
I'm not sure.
It just cracked.
There is no activity.
Can you give us a sign?
Give us a sign.
Can you give us a sign?
Level 2?
Is someone here with us? Is somebody down in this basement? Can you show us a sign? Don't want to show me a sign, huh? Fine.
I wish for knowledge.
Oh.
My heart's beating. It's coming for me.
What did I just witness?
It just killed the miner. Or Mia.
Oh, look in your book.
The miner.
Where?
Look in the book. Look at all the evidence that is scraped off.
What?
Like, look in the journal.
It said no.
I'm not seeing that. All my evidence is still there.
Really?
Yeah.
On Shady's, it's like scribbled out.
Oh, wait, because you asked for knowledge.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, what did it scrape off?
We just scraped off a lot of things. Okay, so it's not spirit, poltergeist, or the one below poltergeist,
Mayor.
or wraith, or the one to the right of wraith, phantom, I think. Not a yokai. I think that's Onryo, right above Obake. Not an Onryo. Not the twins, not the mimic, and then not a Diogen or a Moroi.
Okay. Man, that monkey thing was goated.
Dude, yeah, but I'm cursed now.
Oh, no.
Like, I can't see anything.
I hear its song. Dude, what? How did I just...
Oh, heck no. What, the skibbity toilet?
It was singing to me, and then it didn't even make a noise, and I just died. I'm guessing I was right on it when it started hunting.
Dude, my screen is blackened.
What?
Oh my gosh. My screen is literally blackened, dude.
So we don't have anything.
You're cursed.
It's not the thing below Ghost Orb.
And it's not Spirit Box either.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, we could have just crossed off Spirit Box. It would have already gotten rid of that.
Okay. Do we know which room it's in?
No.
It came out of the basement. I think it's in the basement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have bring the EMF reader and bring a crucifix. Let's go.
It's singing again.
Bro, I can't even see anything.
Yo, it's crawling in the basement. I would run. Do not go in the basement.
It's coming?
It's coming out. Yeah. Oh, nah.
Oh, bloody Martin.
Yo, it just went into the bathroom. Oh, it's killing Shady. Oh, no. Shady was cursed, so that was,
What the heck is that thing, bro?
that was gonna happen.
All right. So it's aggressive.
Yes.
I just we can't get info without me just dying.
How did we not get the thing with incense, bro?
I don't know.
I literally burnt it in its face.
Banshees are known for common singing events.
They are?
Apparently.
If it's singing, then we should probably go Banshee.
Was it singing? I didn't hear
The
it.
ghost is during a singing ghost event.
Could it be a banshee then?
Banshee is the one that sings.
It could be.
Dude, I didn't hear it scream through the microphone. I kind of wish I did.
You think it's Banshee?
I'm down to go Banshee.
Oh, wait. If the monkey thing is still there, you can go in there and be like, I wish for life. And then you have a 50% chance of dying or bringing someone back to life.
Dude, I'll so Nico die.
We could just guess Banshee.
Yeah,
That's the only one that sings, really.
let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Closing her up.
Please.
Please, please game.
Let's see.
Oh, yes.
It was. Oh my goodness. Yo, the fact that it was singing was so goated.
Yeah, I know.
Holy moly.
Singing in the shower, dancing in the mirror.
All right.
Sorry.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Today, we played Among Us, but each round, there was a secret imposter role that nobody knew. So, the imposter just got to kill each game with using their abilities, and we had to try and figure out what they actually could do. We're back with Among Us, but every round, there's going to be a secret imposter role that we're going to have to guess. And for the first round, let's see if we get it. Nope, we just got crewmate. All right, that's fine. But I got snitch again. Oh, gosh. If you didn't know, last time I played Among Us, I basically completed all my tasks really quickly. And I just completely snitched out the imposters. So I don't really want to do that this time because I think it makes everybody mad at me. So let me not be a snitch. Usually, I'll just speedrun all my tasks and get them done just so I can figure out who it is. But I don't really want to do that. Okay, well, now we're back here. Martin, I got reversied. Where was the body?
Zoe was dead in admin.
In admin.
Between admin and office. So that hallway.
Yeah, I think this could be an Alyssa kill.
No, I had a bomb on me, and then I was like trying to like get it off, and it was gonna be either Juliet or Zoe, to be honest, or Cash, but he kind of ran the other way.
Interesting. No info. Skip.
Okay, if that's the agreement.
Okay, whatever you say.
I don't know. What Alyssa's doing is very smart, but it's also very dangerous.
It's a very dangerous game you're playing, Alyssa.
You need to understand that, Alyssa. It's actually very smart, but you have to realize it's very dangerous. All right, I'm pretty sure it's Alyssa as well, but there's one imposter remaining. It just said that on my screen, so I'm pretty sure Zoe was one of the imposters. Well, that's very interesting. I did not know that was gonna happen. I think it was Zoe and Alyssa this game. I don't know why, I just have a weird feeling it was. So you know what? I'm gonna start doing my tasks as the snitch. I'm probably gonna get targeted once they see me on my last task, because they can actually see when you're the snitch. So I gotta be very careful. And Nico's dead. Well, Nico gone.
Okay, so Mia and Minor, they're safe. Alyssa and VMT, they're safe. They are off the radar completely. So we're either looking at Cash, Squid, or Peanut, or Juliet.
All right. Yeah, so pretty much what happened was I was standing by like a little vent by where the reactors go off, and I think Nico's dead like in the front of like, not laboratory, but that hallway.
See, what the vampire is doing is very smart, but it's also very dangerous.
Okay, so we figured out the secret role. It's a vampire.
Yeah, I think you knew that, though, at the beginning of the round when it popped up on your screen.
I'm not the vampire. Also, I believe Zoe was whatever the other imposter was, and she got bombed.
But there is a bomber left.
Wait, is there one imposter?
I know the 4 people that I said are not the vampire for Shody.
Could they be bomber?
Yeah, but they could be bombers still, so that's not off the radar.
Oh, nah.
But I at least know that they're not the vampire. You're not safe, Squid. You're nice and quiet.
So that means it's either Squid, Juliet, or Peanut.
I think you're safe sitting there on your plump butt cheeks. No, you're not.
Yo, what? What did I just hear?
Last one to CashNico.com is a rotten egg.
All right, so it's either Squid, Peanut, Juliet. That's what Shady's saying at least. Should I just believe him? Maybe I will. I kind of want someone to kill me here because last time I was snitch, everybody hated me. I just did all my tasks and completely outed them. So, yeah, hey, it's a free body right here if somebody want to kill me. VMT, are you the bomber or something? Let's just keep going this way. Mia just came out of cams. Should I just sit on cams? Come on, somebody kill. Somebody kill. All right, if nobody's gonna kill, I'm gonna start doing my tasks. And then I'm gonna figure out who it really is. Okay, never mind.
What happened?
I'm gonna just say me, Peanut, and Mia were walking, and then lights went out. Mia and I went to the right, and then Mia threw a bomb on me. I threw it back on her, and she immediately died. And yeah.
What? Why did he yell?
What did you do after that happened? Did you report it immediately?
I went up and did my little task where I correct the temperature on the thingy, and then I came back down.
So you're saying Mia was the bomber?
I'm not saying Mia was the bomber because I threw it back on her. So like I would have died if I threw it back on her.
Yeah, so Mia wasn't the bomber, so what are you saying? It was Peanut that was the bomber?
Wait.
Since when could you throw a bomb that's tossed on you? I thought it insta-kills them.
It's random. I don't know. I swear it's been able to transfer like 2 different times sometimes. I don't know.
I threw it back onto her because she was the only person that could have possibly thrown it on me.
Yeah, I was running away from the vampire. The lights were flashing.
I think it's Peanut is the bomber. But we're here to get the imposter, I think. I don't know.
I did nothing.
Well, you're the only culprit.
Are we skipping or what are we doing?
I think just skip.
I think Peanut's the bomber, but I'm gonna just skip.
All right.
All right, Cash and Squid, got my eyes on you.
I'm innocent.
What tasks did you do last round, Cash?
I haven't done many because I know if I do my tasks, I'm gonna get yelled at again.
Oh, so he's implying that he's a role. He's implying something. What he's doing is very smart, but it's also very dangerous.
Why does Shady keep saying that? Should I start doing my tasks? I don't know. Do they want me to? Nah, I'm probably gonna die here. Well, it was fun while it lasted, you know? I guess I will start doing my tasks now, since everyone knows. Oh, I like this one. This one's like a video game. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Somebody about to be dead here? I don't know. Do I care? No. And now we're all camouflaged. I cannot see anything. Hey, hey, hey. Who's around here? Acting all sus and stuff. Hey, yo.
Juliet, what just happened?
I got bombed and pasted to minor.
Oh, nah.
Do you know who bombed you?
It wasn't me. I'll tell you that.
I don't. It was right after we finished comms.
I was walking up and I saw the body, and then I walked up toward the body, and Juliet was just standing there.
There was 4 people there, so I couldn't tell who it was.
Who else was there? Because, like, this would be the second time Peanut's around someone who got blown up.
Okay, that's a coincidence.
Guys, there's 2 imposters left. I think we could just skip.
Why would we skip?
We're on 7. If we vote wrong, then we get double killed and lose.
That's not true. It's the bomber and an imposter.
Yeah, Zoe was one.
Anyone noticing Shady's awfully quiet this round?
Yeah.
I'm just on some chill timing, bro. Squid, how about you just shut up, Cat in the Hat?
Hey, Shady, it's very smart, but that's very dangerous, dude.
Yeah, I know, because I'm playing with Squid's tentacles right now and he knows it.
I'm just gonna skip. I guess I could just do the rest of my tasks then. You know, nobody wants to talk. I'm just gonna figure out who it is. I don't even care. It's over at this point. Game over. I'm going up to O2. All right. Boom, 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 boom. And now I got my last task. Am I gonna get killed? Juliet, you gonna kill me? I don't think so. Squid, you gonna kill me? Oh gosh, lights are going out. Lights are going out. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Is Squid chasing me down? I don't even know. Well, I have my last task right here. And I'm dead to Juliet. Well, I knew it was gonna happen.
Where was the body?
Okay, this is kind of giving self-report.
I was about to say that.
It was not me.
Yo, Juliet, what were you doing?
I'm in admin on the admin table.
No, you're not. I'm there.
She got caught.
That's not true.
My vote is on Juliet. It's her. Get her off the boat. I don't know who the bomber is.
I think it's Peanut. I was trusting Gillette, but now I don't know.
Peanut is the bomber. I'm gonna say that, but Juliet, I don't know.
Guys, it's really not me.
Well, they got Juliet, but are they gonna be able to get Peanut? All right, Peanut. Let's see you cook with this bomb. He's faking a task. I could do my last task, I guess. And boom, done. That's literally all I had to do to get my role. But I didn't want to ruin the game because a lot of people here hate the snitch role. So let me not. Oh, and we're reversing. Oh god, Alyssa's dead. Peanut killed her. Really, bro? Oh, VMT's going to look, and yep. Wow.
Dude, VMT, why would you do that, bro?
That's crazy. I was trying to find who it was.
It's the Peanut, dude. Just get him off the ship.
Wait, what?
I can't vote him.
You can't vote him?
I was trying to find the Peanut. Yeah, no, he's dead for me. He's dead.
Wait. It's not me, though. It's not me.
What did you do, dude?
I did upload in communications, and then I went down into boiler room.
Okay, where Alyssa's dead body was. You did not go that way, dude.
Cut the yapping.
I did not ask for a yap fest, little Peanut. Now I want you to get off my ship, or me and VMT and Squid are gonna have to crack you.
At the same time.
At the same time.
Oh, no, for me, I gotta get out of here.
Squid was the jester. I see why he didn't want to go for the Peanut immediately. And he was the bomber.
Ow!
I knew it, Peanut. You little bomber.
Dude, Alyssa killed me first round.
All right, I swear, if I get snitch again, I'm just gonna do all my tasks. Ooh, I'm the medium. I can gain info from dead players or spirits. Wait, so when somebody dies, I'm pretty sure after the meeting, I can actually talk with them. That's very interesting. Okay, you know what? I'm done doing tasks. I've done enough. I can call a mediation whenever I want, and I can talk to spirits. All right, well, it looks like lights are shutting off. I don't like that. I don't like that. Please, 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 please. Is somebody gonna die? Am I about to see a dead body? Oh, Zoe just came out of that vent, and then Alyssa just came out of that vent. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Let's just go run this way. I still don't have a bomb on me, but I haven't been to this side of the map, so if I see a dead body, I don't know who did it. I have like no info right now. And Miner's dead.
Squid, were you running away from that body?
I was, but I just reported it because I had a bomb thrown on me. And I'm pretty sure it was Alyssa, because I had a bomb thrown on me earlier in the VMT at the admin table.
Mia. Why are you standing on the body of the miner?
Wait, that was VMT's body for me.
Yeah, where was VMT's body?
It's in the admin doorway.
Okay, so Squid is in electrical with the miner's body and Mia's with VMT's body in admin. I don't know. Squid says it might be Alyssa that bombed him.
Does anyone have a medbay scan?
I do. I have a medbay scan.
You have a medbay scan? I want you to show me that you have that medbay scan next round.
I have it. Yes! Will you watch me, please?
Okay, yes, I'll watch you, Juliet.
No, Squid's just gonna stand on top of us and say you medbay, bro.
I'll stay away from you guys.
I don't know what we can do with this info. I'm just curious. I want to know who's safe.
I don't trust Alyssa.
Guys, BMT died to the bomber.
I'm telling you, VMT died to me. I think, like, I threw the bomb on him.
Okay, then you haven't been saying that there's anyone around you the whole game, so I don't know, dude. Maybe you're just going around.
You said Alyssa, but I don't know.
So Alyssa's the bomber in Squid's eyes? That's what's going on?
Maybe.
And she's real silent over there. What she's doing is smart, but it's also dangerous.
Okay, I think we're going to watch a medbay scan now. So let's do that. Who's gonna do it first? Mia is. Okay, so she is safe. And I'm pretty sure Shady's gonna put a shield on her or something. I want to speak with some spirits. How do I do that? Where was the first dead body? Was it around here somewhere? Oh, here it is. Spirit. Excuse me, spirit. Can I speak with you? Oh, I collected a spirit. Oh, nah.
You want to see a dead body?
Shady, I appreciate the vouch, man.
No, of course.
I don't know what I just uncovered.
Well, that was a waste.
So you're telling me that VMT and the miner were the imposters, bro?
Both imposters are dead?
Hey, y'all down to just start voting out people? Squid first and Alyssa.
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out this role. I just collected VMT's soul, and it's showing Morphling under VMT now. Can I speak with him?
What the heck? Ask him from the dead who the bomber is.
VMT responded, my role was the Morphling, my killer was a lighter color, my killer was the bomber.
So it's Squid or Alyssa. It's Squid or Alyssa.
I'm not a lighter color.
Squid is a lighter color. I have a role that tells me that he's a lighter color.
It's Alyssa or Juliet.
Juliet Medbay, Juliet Medbay.
Okay, so it's Squid or Alyssa. Let's just start voting people out.
Get Alyssa out of here.
Okay, we'll do Alyssa first.
Y'all want to see a dead body?
Y'all want to see a dead body?
When you catch this bomb,
Oh my goodness.
that's what I thought, boy. Yeah.
So it was Squid, bro.
That was the dumbest round of Among Us ever.
I really like that medium role. I hope I get it again at some point. Maybe I'll get it here? Oh, spy. Wait, hold on. I like this role. So I can check admin whenever I want and see where everybody's at. Peanut just hopped. Is going to laboratory. I'm just gonna watch the Peanut. Why is he in laboratory? Now he's in reactor. I doubt he's doing any tasks right now. Uh-huh. Okay, Squid. I don't know where you just came from. Where's the body?
Who was the vampire there?
It's in, like, the start room.
Oh, in the start room.
And then it's just Alyssa, Juliet, and I there. Right? Or is there more people?
GG, VMT's the bomber.
Wait, where were you, Nika?
Right to the left of Medbay.
What?
Yeah, like in the hallway.
No, that doesn't make sense. Me and Miner are medbay.
Wait, I thought Mia was with us.
No, I'm not.
Wait, Juliet, Alyssa, me. No, my bad, Juliet.
Okay, so if Juliet, Zoe, and Alyssa are in main spawn, and then apparently Cash, Nico, and Squid are by medbay, even though Miner and I are by medbay, the vampire's by locker room.
I only saw Squid. I didn't see Nico at all because my lights were like a little circle around me. So I don't know how you saw me, but you got imposter vision, bruh. Or jester vision.
Shady Nico Peanut. I'm sus.
I'm in the office.
Okay, that would make sense.
I mean, you could be sesame, but I saw what I saw, and I'm gonna keep it at that.
You're in office?
He could be Jester, but it could be Nico.
He's gonna keep it a buck.
Yeah, Shady, what are you doing? Can I trust you?
You can do whatever you want. I was just strolling through the city of Among Us, living life.
I don't know if I can trust you.
Yo, we're on a spaceship, bruh. All right, it's time to keep spying on people. What if I just watch admin the entire time and see where everybody goes? I feel like I could do that. I could also be boring and sit in a vent. Shady's going to fix. Wait, why is there two Shadys? There's two Shadys right now. Okay, I don't know if my game's bugging or something, but I see Alyssa in storage. 4 people are in cafeteria. I'm seeing duplicates. Why am I seeing so many duplicates? This is so confusing. I'm pretty sure I can vent though. So you know what? Let's go vent. No. All right, it's time to look around. Zoe's right there. Is somebody about to hop out of these vents right here? Am I about to see someone? Who's in the vents? Huh? Show yourself. Oh, I just got pulled out of the vent. Okay. Well, comms are disabled, so I can't see anything, but I could fix it right here. 98792. Boom. Dead. All right, so comms are good now. And there's a dead body. And Squid just killed. Wait, don't report yet. Okay, so I guess Mia was the killer, and there's a bomb on me. Well, I'm dead. Okay.
What the heck?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
What the heck, bro?
Squid, did you kill? What was that?
I did not kill. I thought you killed.
No, I was hiding from you.
Okay, Peanut, what were you doing?
I was in the vents, and then I did wires, need storage, and then the asteroid and balcony.
You said you were in vents?
Yeah, I vented the med bay.
Zoe might be the bomber, because at the end, Cash just died on.
No, because you definitely killed Mia. I saw that.
We gotta figure out who the imposter is here. We don't even know. If there's 2 left, then we're cooked.
We gotta vote somebody.
I don't know how Cash didn't see me in that first round. I literally walked past him.
Okay, Shady just sussed half the game. So Shady, where were you?
I was relaxing, gaining intel.
This guy's always relaxing, walking around in Among Us.
The miner has information.
So what's he saying? Bomber is darker and Zoe is the only darker player left. Okay, so we know that for sure, but we don't need a voter out yet because there's probably 2 imposters left. We don't need to worry about the bomber right now. We can get her out later.
No, because I 100% saw Squid kill.
Okay, so you're the imposter.
Okay, so it's Nico and Squid. It's Nico and Squid.
Yo, he's figuring this whole thing out. This is crazy.
Does anyone believe Shady? Dude, you got any vouchers on you?
I don't know, okay? I just saw Squid kill, okay?
You saw Squid kill?
I literally saw Squid lunge and kill Mia.
So what are we voting? Were we voting Squid? We gotta vote Squid.
Wait. The lights were off. The lights were off.
No, the lights came on.
And they all voted Squid. Oh, Shady has mayor, so he has 3 votes. That's goated.
The Squid? Let's go.
Nico acting like he's not the other imposter is so funny. Let's go, Squid's out. Your teammate. Oh, nah. Boom. Emergency meeting.
Why Nico over here is saying let's go like he didn't just lose an imposter, brother? Who do we want off the ship first, the bomber or the imposter?
What do you mean? I said let's go because I'm a crewmate.
All right, what's your role?
I'm not going to say my role.
Bro, get him off the ship, bro.
All right. I didn't even stutter there. I'm confused. That's a little weird.
Well, I thought you were gonna stutter.
I don't know. Shady's just calling me out every single time. This is one game where I finally get to survive and you guys are calling me out. Is that ever?
If it's not you, bro, I'm genuinely sorry, bro. I'll like kiss you on the mouth.
What?
All right. I wish.
What? Yo, what is going on? What am I even listening to? And yeah, okay, that's done. I'm pretty sure they're gonna press the button again and then get Zoe out because she's the bomber.
All right, Zoe, any final words?
No, I got the imposter out. I say you let me have the win.
No, I don't like that.
That's just rude. I helped you with Squid. I'm a crewmate as much as you guys are.
I don't know. I've done my job around here as my role.
I'm sorry, Zoe.
I've done my job as the mayor of Among Us.
I see how it is. I'm never helping the crewmates ever again.
3 of you disgusting human beings in my city. Out.
Okay, President.
Wow, Shady carried that entire game. And it looks like I got crewmate. But which role? That's very important. Spy again. Yes, thank goodness. I died so early last game. I really wanted to use this role. So now I can watch everybody. And I can vent. I'm gonna start venting all around the place. Nah, let's go this way. And then I'm gonna sit on admin. Squid's in electrical. I saw Mia here for a second. Oh, Alyssa went to this vent too. So people are venting all around the place. Yo, Mia and Shady are here. Okay, very interesting. Everyone's in laboratory right now. And then did Alyssa just kill an office? Yo.
Who is right there?
That's me. Well, I found out the secret role. It is a ninja because there was ninja stars there.
Who else was there? It was me, you, and who?
I'm also there. I walked into that.
Why did we not report it? Why did we not report this?
I was just trying to look around.
I was in my map looking at my tasks and then I saw the report button.
Zoe, Peanut, and I medbayed. I don't know why I don't believe that the miner medbayed.
I don't know about the miner. I'll have to see it again. We'll see.
I just never believe him.
I still have my med bay too, so I could redo it if needed.
Wait, where was Squid?
I was towards cams, like above lights.
Where were you, Alyssa?
I was walking by the button because I was following Mia like barely close behind. But then for some reason on cams, I happened to see somebody named a Squid Kid, not where he just said that he was.
Okay, where was I then? I guess I wasn't there.
I knew this was happening. Yeah, I knew this was happening.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe I'll let you cook, but why did I see you walking into office and not on cams near lights? Unless you happen to just kill Juliet.
Alyssa, and where might you be?
I just said I was walking in the office. Just walked out.
You were walking in office.
I was.
I thought you were on cams.
I'm gonna be honest, I did see her office. She kind of scared me. I ain't even gonna lie.
Walking around while being on cams doesn't really sound like, you know, normal. But like, it's chill.
Oh my gosh, Shady, you know that's normal.
Does the investigator do that?
All I'm saying is that, like, if I'm dead, just know it's Squid.
Okay, well now the imposter is gonna kill you and then I'm gonna get voted out, but okay.
Yeah, I knew this was going on.
You're playing a dangerous game.
All right, Nico, it's all up to you.
All right.
Good vote.
Wow, good talks.
Yeah, of course, guys. I got you. You know I'm always supportive. Letting everyone talk.
All right. Well, I guess we could just check admin now. I know Nico, Shady are there in weapons. I feel like one of them is gonna be dead. I could go down there just to check. And Nico's still alive, right? He's in communications. All right, good. Now Mia and Alyssa are both up here. Should I go check on them or should I check on everyone in lab? Is Mia still here? Alyssa, did you kill her? Doesn't look like it. Alyssa could have put a bomb on me though. All right, what's going on? Mia is venting everywhere right now. Mia, what are you doing? Okay, it's me, Mia, and Alyssa right here. And miners in laboratory. Wait, someone's most definitely dead. Alyssa, did you kill in here? Is somebody dead in laboratory? Wait a second, what? Okay, Squid's an admin.
So I was on the bottom side of the map and I didn't know what happened the entire game. So, Alyssa, I'll give you the talking stick here.
Thank you. Zoe, where were you?
No, Zoe was just with me.
I was just in security, and then I pulled up next to Nico, but Nico doesn't know I'm there. And I also have medbay, just a heads up, so I'm kind of clear.
Thank you. The talking stick is to Mia. One at a time, please.
Zoe is clear, and I saw Alyssa and Cash together, but that was all I saw.
Cash, anything you want to say?
What Cash is doing is very smart.
But it's also very dangerous.
It's also very dangerous.
I think it's either Alyssa or Zoe.
No, Zoe's safe. Zoe's 100% safe. I'm telling you she's safe.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. She did medbay. It could be Miner. I know Miner Miner was in laboratory.
Where was Squid this round as well?
I ended on admin table.
Also, we gotta put some sus on Shady too. I don't know what bro's been up to.
Like I said, I'm just strolling through the streets of Among Us.
Nico, can you vouch Shady?
Well, you see, I would vouch Shady, but I wasn't looking.
Okay, Nico did see me walk by after I did that little water spinning boiler task, so what the heck, dude? You ain't finna give me any vouch, bro. We opened that door, our lips grazed, and we left.
What?
That's enough details. Don't tell him.
I guess we skip again. Very sus. Very interesting. All right. Well, we didn't eject anyone, and there's still 2 imposters and a little skibbity bomber. What if I just stay on the button and watch everyone? I can keep track of anyone and anything. Zoe's venting around. Very sus. Nico, Squid, and Miner are all in laboratory. And Zoe's in storage. What if I go bug her? I could definitely do that. Zoe's over here in laboratory. You know what? I'm gonna bug Nico. And then everyone's just over here. Zoe is medbaying. Okay, so she proves herself clear.
Who killed Shady?
So, I was in medbay, and I checked vitals, and I see Shady gone at exactly 11:34 at 30 seconds PST time. So, who is it? Whoever killed 45 seconds ago?
It couldn't have been Alyssa or Squid for this one at least, because I can guarantee they were there.
Mia, is it you?
Tis not I.
It happened pretty early in the game, around 20 seconds in.
So we know it's not Zoe. I was mostly just in the middle of the map.
It's not me, Zoe, or Alyssa.
Yeah, it's not Squid or the Miner, because I was walking with them when the kill happened. It's not Zoe.
So it's Mia or Cash.
I feel like it's more on Cash.
No, wait, why more on me?
I haven't seen Cash like this whole game, but I've been keeping tabs on other people.
That's just because I'm trying not to die. I'm trying to avoid y'all. I'm keeping tabs on everyone this game because of my role. I think it was Mia that did this kill.
It was not me.
Well, we don't know where the body is because Nico pressed the button. I feel like Shady was probably in a vent and the ninja might have killed him while he was in the vent.
Can the ninja vent?
No, but I think the ninja could have killed him while he was in the vent.
I'm sus of Mia and Cash. Ended discussion.
I'm sus of Mia.
A little skippage.
A little skibbity. I really do think it's Mia. I'm not really sure why. She's just the only one that's not there with everyone, so that's why. I'm just gonna keep checking admin. I like doing this. Kinda nice. Alright, well, you know what? Let's just run around the map now. I could hop in a little vent just to make sure I don't die, but maybe I should just bug people. Okay, so Miner's down there. Squid's there. Zoe and Mia in electrical. And Miner's in laboratory. No longer in specimen, huh? Alright, well, I feel like the Miner's getting kills. And I don't really like that. Where's everybody else, though? Oh, comms are disabled. Oh, nah. I swear, if someone comes for me, I'm hopping in the vent.
There was ninja stars on me.
That's true. There was ninja stars and Squid was there. How does the ninja work again?
They can tag somebody and then teleport from, like, across the map to kill them.
Do they leave ninja stars whenever they teleport?
Yes.
It was on my body. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, because Mia was on security with Squid. Squid randomly, like, disappeared, and then the ninja stars happened, and then, like, Squid's gone. So that's pretty much it. Squid.
Thank God you're there because I would have been blamed. Thank God.
Ah! You're so lucky!
Oh my gosh.
Is there a bomber in this game? Has anybody had a bomb on them?
I don't know. I've been venting, though.
Mia or Cash or the bomber, guys.
No, I feel like the bomber probably died first. It could have been VMT. Poor guy.
Oh no.
Or Juliet. I don't know. All right, let's see if it was Squid. Squid was the ninja. Well, that's 0 imposters. And it looks like there's still a bomber. Well, very, very interesting. I guess we'll see if it's Nico or not then, huh? Somebody is sus, and I don't know who it is. I could walk around and see.
So there is a bomber.
Why'd we press the button?
Because isn't it you?
What?
Did we not have sus on you earlier? Didn't Squid just say you were the bomber or me?
Yeah, he said it could have been you. But I'm saying, why'd we press the button?
Oh man, another 120 seconds, Mia.
Exactly. Why'd you press it? We just went through that.
That is completely my fault. I spaced that we have to do this again. That's my bad.
We might as well vote someone out. I vote Mia.
I'm voting you, dude.
I'm voting Mia out.
What do you think, Zoe? I will vote whoever you vote.
I don't know. I feel like it's more Cash than Mia, honestly.
Why?
Like, she could have killed me in security one time. She could be marinating me, but I haven't seen you all game, bro. And I haven't had a bomb on me.
Then maybe we're just both voting each other for no reason. It could be the Miner.
You think it's Mia marinating?
I haven't even been around Zoe that much, but Zoe was there when the ninja stars were on top of me.
That doesn't mean you're not the bomber.
That's true. I haven't given her a chance to put a bomb on me, though.
Uh-huh.
I'm still more sus of Cash.
Why?
Gosh, I don't know. You know what, Mia? You played a good game if it's not you.
No, I'm telling you the bomber's not me. Like, I'm pretty sure it's Cash.
So it's either you or the Miner. No. I wasn't even near anybody to kill.
Cash, what task have you done?
I haven't done any tasks. I've been tracking y'all.
Do you have Trader on?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, plus if it was a traitor, they would have done, like, the whatever it's called. I don't remember. I play this game.
I think it's Mia. No! No! Why? Who voted me?
It is not I. It literally is not me.
Alright, well, I'm out.
Does she play it till the end? Uh-oh.
Yep, there we go. They didn't want to believe me, but Mia is the bomber, and I'm cooked. Who shielded Mia? Nico shielded Mia. Why'd you do that? Why? I think Nico has a bomb on him. Actually, no. And Mia just killed Nico. Well, we may be cooked, chat. Is Zoe gonna clutch it up? I guess we'll see. And the bomber wins.
Man, I trusted you!
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
How am I running out of sprint?
Today I'm working at a convenience store, but apparently some of the customers are skinwalkers. Why am I working here again?
Night 1.
Oh, God. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. If I ever got a call from somebody telling me to come work for them, and they told me there was skinwalkers that I had to decipher between, I would not take that job. I don't know if I'm weird for that. This doesn't look like my convenience store job. I think I'm starting off in my house. Do I really sleep on this kind of bed? Oh, man, I am broke.
I need to eat something.
All right, what do you want to eat? This little sticky note? Wait, why is there a don't be late? Oh, God, why is my manager leaving sticky notes? Oh, very interesting fashion selection, sir. I kind of feel bad for this dude. He lives in a small apartment, and his TV don't even work. Look at that thing. Okay, but before I go to work, I actually need to eat something. Can I eat this? Aw, it's empty. This microwave looks so old. Don't tell me I'm gonna cook something in here. This apartment is way too small. Oh, thank goodness I can turn on the lights. Oh, that's so much better. I don't like the fact that I have a balcony out there either. Okay, let's just eat our food and get to our job. I'm getting distracted. Can't even see myself in the mirror. Oh, what am I doing? I didn't mean to... Alright, guess I had to pee. Yo, buddy, I'm just trying to look for something to eat. Is it in my fridge? Alright. Wow, that is an empty fridge. We gotta get some food up in here, bruh.
It's cold. Need to heat it up.
Oh, in the dirty microwave? Alright, man, fine. That is the brightest microwave I've ever seen. The good thing is I literally work at a grocery store now, so I could probably just get some groceries before I head home tonight. What? Did I burn my food? Did y'all see that? All right, I ate my dinner. You want me to wash my face now? Why don't we take a shower? I feel like if we're going to our workplace, shouldn't we do that at least? Buddy, washing your face is not enough.
Time for work again.
Wait, what? So this isn't my first day on the job? Huh, all right. Time to head outside. Of course I'm working at night, bro. I thought for a second maybe one of these games would let me work in the daytime, but no. Of course it has to be pitch black while I go to fend off skinwalkers. I hate these kinds of hallways. So, do I go that way or that way? This way is lit up, so I think I'm going back into my house, aren't I? Yeah, I am. Okay, no, this is the gate, buddy. Lock in, Cash. Okay, no one down these weird alleyways. I know there's gonna be something to come jump out. Not this way? All right, fine, then this way. Something's gonna pop out at me one of these nights. Wait, I can zoom as well. Oh, nah. Don't tell me the skinwalkers are camping me outside my house. Hey, I gotta go to work, buddy. You're not gonna do anything weird, are ya? Okay, you are slow. What you looking at? Oh, you're a girl. Okay. But if that wasn't the goofiest walk I've ever seen, what's this?
Someone else went missing. This neighborhood is getting worse.
Yo, people are going missing in my neighborhood? We're just gonna walk in these dark alleyways? Yeah, no. I would not be doing this in real life. Buddy, you got some gonads of steel. Okay. Ah! What are you doing staring at me? God, people just be sneaking around the corners. Can you not do that, please? Okay, what's this? Newspaper. Oh, I am not reading all this. Serial disappearances, blah, blah, blah. Local police are looking for them. Yeah, all right. Well, hopefully I don't go missing. Ain't that right? Yeah. Okay, no one's there. Oh. Is he walking towards me? No, he's walking away. Yeah, that's right, buddy. So where's my workplace again? I don't like the fact that I have to walk down here. This has got to be it, right? This is like the big... Hello? Oh, did I just run out of sprint? Oh, heck no. I'm going inside. You hear that laughing out there? I almost died on my way here. Is this my boss? I didn't know you were a girl. Did you leave that note next to my bed? Okay, why do I feel like my boss is also a skinwalker? Why are you standing like that?
They're gone.
Oh,
Look who finally showed up. You live like 2 minutes away.
oh, you're just my coworker. You're not my boss.
Night shifts are killing me. My brain is still asleep.
Same. My eyes are burning. I keep seeing things moving in the aisles. I need a nap.
So you're telling me that I'm gonna have to deal with that?
Too much coffee, maybe. Go home before you pass out.
The manager calls. He said if anyone acts weird or looks off, just don't serve them.
Yeah, no, this is the point where I'm quitting my job.
Finally, permission to be mean to customers. Get some rest.
See you tomorrow. Don't fall asleep at the register.
I'll try. Watch your back on the way home.
All right, well, I'm taking her spot. How'd she just get that coat? Yeah, I'm not gonna ask any questions. Yeah, good luck getting home. I heard some laughing out there. Well, now the game's just telling me to grab the barcode scanner. Is that fried chicken? Buddy, that looks nasty. I'd be surprised if anyone even buys that. Barcode scanner, is this it? Yeah, it is. Give me that thing. Okay, why am I looking at it? No, just grab it. Okay. So my computer monitor here says 0. I'm guessing that's gonna count up whenever I find a skinwalker. What else we got in here, huh? Something back here? Oh, this is the manager's office. Is someone walking? Oh, I hear people. Hello? Oh, 2 people? Am I gonna have to check the both of them? Okay. You guys, yep, I saw you earlier, didn't I? All right. Hi. Hi. Why are you pointing at the desk like that? Yeah, I'm on my way, buddy. All right, let me just make sure y'all are not sus. Okay, so it says 2 customers on here. So it's just telling me how many people are waiting in line. All right, I can chat with you.
Hi. Long night, huh?
Yeah? Why are you staring right behind him? I think this guy's safe, but I can't tell. Okay, if I get this wrong, I'm gonna be really sad. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead. What are you doing? Stop.
Hi.
Okay, all right. Yeah, you want it? You want to? Let me chat with you.
Hi. Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Got it. Say that again?
Hi.
All right, good. Yeah, I think she's safe as well. I think the characters in this game just kind of stand weird. I can't really judge them. Oh my goodness. Yo, okay, stop pointing at the desk. We got more people. Hey, you guys are coming in a little too quickly for my liking. I have to...
Hi.
All right, I have to look around and make sure that they're not doing anything sus in these aisles. Wait a second, no one's even back here. All right, I'm tweaking. Hey, buddy. Are you an anomaly by any chance? Nope, he's just bald. All right, let me get you out of here before that guy comes in. I gotta check everyone. Let me talk to you.
Hi. Keep the change.
All right, you seem normal to me. Get out my face, buddy. Okay, stop it. I hate when they do that pointing thing. It's so annoying. Just take your groceries and leave, buddy. I want to go into the manager's office, but there's still a customer walking around. Ah, he can wait. What we got in here, huh? I want to access the computer. Oh, wait, there's a mop in. Ah, you again? Oh my God, and it's the bald dude. Why you guys keep coming back here?
Keep the change.
That's all you have to say? Really? All right, fine. Well, there you go. Guys, I have no idea what an anomaly is supposed to look like. I don't know if it's like a small detail or a very big one. This guy has been here before, and I already know you're not an anomaly.
Hi.
Yeah, he says the same thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. You bought a lot of stuff this time, didn't ya? Okay, I need to look up what sugoi means. Wait, she seems a little sus to me. I don't know why, but I'm hearing ominous sound effects. What? Why you got 2 sets of lips? And why was your voice so deep? Nope, not serving you. I know you're an anomaly. Wait, what if I talk to her? Oh no. Nope. Get me in the manager's office. Goodbye. Yep, go away. I don't want to be tickled by an anomaly today. I'm just going to play video games on my computer. Maybe I can look in my manager's cabinets. He could be hiding dead bodies in here. Or maybe I could grab this mop and clean up all the dirt on the floor. All right, it's getting boring in here. Is she gone? Why are you still here? Go away. You're so scary, aren't you? You're so scary. You're not scaring me. You just got a deep voice. Okay, so I guess I can't get rid of her. There's no, like, refuse button to do, so I guess you're not an anomaly? I feel like the lips would be an obvious thing, right? I guess not. Okay. I knew you were an anomaly. How was I supposed to decline you? Night 2. Wow. Apparently I'm just stupid, guys. I somehow survived that, though, because if I'm on night 2, that means I'm alive. Why is it darker in my apartment, though? Oh, man. What a dream. Wait, it was a dream? Really? There's no way. Oh, wait, these are the developers of this game. Is this another one of their video games? I think they're just promoting it on the TV. That's kind of cool. Guys, if you want to see me play that game, I don't even know what it's called. I turned off the TV. Let me know in the comments. All right, let's turn the lights on. And I have to eat something again. Is it just going to be the same? Oh, yeah, it's just the same thing. All right, well, let's go ahead and do that so we can get back to work. Can I take a shower? No. All right, what about pee? Okay. I need to stop peeing every morning, bro. We need to learn to actually clean ourselves before work. This is the wrong place. We gotta go to the microwave. All right. Eat our burnt food. That eating sound is grody. And then we wash our face. All right, I know how to do this by now. As long as you don't change up my routine, that should be easy mode. Time for work again. All right, how did the TV turn back on? Turn off. I'm kind of scared to go outside, guys. Okay, let's run. Let's run to work this time. Because we are not dealing with any booty touchers. Yep. Okay, I'm not going anywhere near you. Oh, heck no, bro. Yeah, no. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, buddy. So we just got someone tweaking outside my house. Is that just normal for me? I'm going to work. Okay, she's not behind me. That's good. Oh, yeah. Okay. You scared me, pal. What you doing sitting down there? Oh, you're looking at me now. I don't want something sneaking up on me. Ugh. Buddy, your face is lopsided. That makes me think you're evil. I could talk to you, though. Do I want to? Yeah, sure.
Chotto. Stay back. Don't come closer.
Relax, I'm just walking by.
You're on one of them. I see it in your eyes.
One of who? I'm just going to work, man. He thinks I'm a skinwalker? I think you're a skinwalker.
The things they're trying to blend in, wearing our skin, talking nonsense. They're everywhere tonight.
You're talking crazy. You need some sleep.
Listen, if they come to your shop, do not let them in. Watch their faces.
Sure. Good luck with that. Yo, I would listen to this homeless guy if I were you. I saw something yesterday. Although if you come into my grocery store, I'm denying you, okay? Is it a grocery store or a convenience store? It's like a convenience store, isn't it? That's what I would think. This is way too small to be at like a Walmart or something. Yeah. All right. Well, we best get to work then. Might as well sift out these anomalies one by... I don't know why it makes that sound. Also, was that screen always there? I don't know. Hey, I'm here to take your spot again, Miss Lady.
You forgot to restock the shelf yesterday.
Sorry, I was just really out of it.
And the floor, too? It hasn't been mopped. It was covered with dirt this morning.
Well, I tried to grab the mop and clean it. Maybe I was in the wrong spot.
Look, I said I'm sorry. I'll take care of it tonight.
You're usually not this lazy. What's wrong? You just wanted to get out of here?
I don't know, I just forgot. I'll do it now, okay?
Fine. Try to stay awake tonight. You look like a ghost.
Well, that's mean. You look like a ghost.
I'm fine, just go home.
Yeah, stop trying to insult me. I'm just trying to do my job, okay? Okay, so you want me to actually clean the floors? It's clean already. What you want me to do? It says to grab a box from the staff room. This was the staff room, right? Okay, I thought someone was gonna be in there for a second. Wait, hold on. We got a note. Who's writing me love letters?
Notice, if a customer is rude, disruptive, or behaving inappropriately, you are allowed to refuse service. Handle it calmly and avoid causing a scene. From manager.
Okay, well, thank you, manager. Why am I the one dealing with this again? I feel like as the manager, you should be doing this, but let's grab our box and let's go restock the shelves. Easy enough. See, I've never worked at a convenience store in real life, but come on, it can't be that hard, guys. You just do that. Yo, if I had to work a job where the items just instantly appear on the shelves like that, that's the easiest job in the world. Is this what it's like in real life? Boom. I'm kidding. Obviously, I know it's not like that in real life. This is the last one, right? Boom. We're done. And now it just says to check out customers. All right. I will check out this customer. Where are they at? Here walking. Oh, all right. Let's check this guy out. What's up? You single? Okay. That was not a funny joke. Oh my goodness. We have so many people coming in. Hey, I'm supposed to watch all of you guys for weird stuff. Okay, everyone here seems normal. What you looking at?
Hi.
Hey. Okay. Buddy, you are pointing at nothing. I'm very suspicious of this dude in the middle. And you in the back. Didn't you have lips on your chin last time? Okay. Dude, look at the way they're just looking at me. Let me talk to you.
Hi.
Don't you know how to do this? Yeah, I do. I just want to make sure your voice is natural. All right, fine. There you go, buddy. Okay. Get out my shop. I'm also just now realizing, guys, that this just tells you the number of items they're buying, not the amount of customers. Let me talk to you.
Hi.
Okay, you sound normal.
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Yep. I don't think you're an anomaly. Your eyes are just a little separated, but that's okay. Okay, we don't judge out here. Just stop doing that. Thank you.
Hi.
You were the anomaly in my dream. Hey, what you doing over there? The question is, are you actually an anomaly?
Hi. This place is always bad.
That's just messed up. All right, fine. Get out my... yeah, I'm gonna scan her. Don't do it. She's safe. Okay, why'd I have a nightmare about her? Very interesting.
Hi.
Oh, heck no! Yeah, you are most definitely an anomaly. You got an eyeball on your face. An extra one. Okay, where did you come from?
You are easy to copy.
What does that mean? Yep, no, heck no. Get out my...
Hi.
What was that? I just refused her. She was like... Was that supposed to be like a shrug? I don't... Okay, how is there two of you? Is that a sign of an anomaly? I don't even know. Let me talk to you.
Hi.
Why do you have a girl voice? 3. All right. Well, you sound normal.
Hi.
So I'm going to say that you are a human. Okay, good. I think I'm learning.
Hi.
Whoa, keep the change. Yep. Okay, you said something normal. You sound normal to me. We're going to go ahead and... Okay, we're good. We're good. Heck no! You is an anomaly, buddy. Why you got a voice changer on? And why you copying their skin? They could be offended by that for all you know.
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Yeah, I highly doubt that, buddy. You're just copying the person that was before you. What? No! Okay. Buddy, why we got someone crawling up to me? Why is there a naked dude in here? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna ask any questions. I'm refusing you. Yeah, get out my store, buddy. Get out my... What in the world am I looking at? You are bending over sideways and you have a third eyeball. Cold tonight. Yeah, it's very cold. It's gonna be cold for you because you are leaving my store. Get out of here.
Hi.
Okay. Did you see that, lady? I know you're an anomaly too, aren't you? Let me talk to you.
Hi.
Wait, he said something normal. Is this a normal dude? Is he just naked? I don't know whether the clothes matter if they're an anomaly or not, but I mean, he's talking normal and he's just bald. What are you looking at? I'm just gonna let him through. I think he's just a human and just a very weird human.
Sugoi.
Okay. Yep, sugoi. All right. What about you, Mr. Baldy? Is this on sale? Yeah, I'll scan it. There you go. It is on sale. It's your lucky day. Get out of here. All right, you look pretty normal to me.
Hi.
Can I borrow your body? Okay, I thought you were normal until you said that. No, you can't borrow my body. I like my body. Well, we finna trade bodies and I'm gonna have that chopped looking mustache? No thanks, buddy. I think I'm just gonna refuse you. Okay, really? You look like that dude without a mustache. Let me talk to you. Cold tonight. Yep, you seem normal. I think. Yep. You're welcome. No.
Hi.
No. You get out my face, buddy. I saw someone with a red... Oh. All right, what do you want?
Hi.
Just these, please. Yeah, sure. You seem pretty normal to me. Get out my face.
Sugoi.
I want to speak to the red one. Ah! Don't you dare jump scare me. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Sure you are, pal. Sure you are. You don't know how to copy skin, do you? You seeing him? Yeah, that guy in front of you is a monster. Do you even care? He could turn around and kill you in an instant. All right, let's go ahead and refuse him. You are weird. Oh my god. All right, what about you? You're the same guy from before.
Hi.
Face hurts to hold. Okay, really? What do you mean your face hurts to hold? Yep, no. I don't care if you look normal. You seem like an anomaly just because you said that, so I'm refusing. I hate that sound that they make. Okay, and that's all the customers done. Now, if I want to go back home, I gotta grab the mop from the staff room, which was right over here. Okay, yeah, I know it's a mop. Close it. And we gotta clean up without anybody coming to touch my butt. Oh, wait. Huh. This is actually very easy. I don't have to, like, hold E or anything. I could just walk over it and it cleans up. That's perfect. All right, last stain is right here. Okay, I was expecting a jump scare whenever I clean that. Did I miss a spot? If so, then where? I'm not very good at cleaning the floor sometimes, guys. Where's the last spot? Oh, it's over near the bathrooms. Alrighty then. Here you go. Alright, don't... Dang, don't go in there for 10 minutes. I think I broke the toilet. Are you kidding me? You're my manager? Why am I working here while you're just pooping? You've been in there this whole time? Yeah, finish the floors before you leave. I'm going home. Sure, good night. Oh. You are the worst manager of all time. All right, well, at least I know what I'm doing now. We can actually refuse the anomalies. Night 3. I swear, if something... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. Where'd he go? There was a man standing. I saw him. I saw him as I was waking up. Am I just not going to say anything? All right, fine. Yep, no, we definitely, we're just seeing things. TV got anything for me? Guess not. There better not be some warped fungus in my fridge when I open it. Nope, just the same food. Okay, yep, this is normal. Let's turn on the lights. Thank you. And boom. Man, I really got the most boring routine of all time, huh? I do the same thing every day. Why was my food red? Anyone else saw that? Guys, am I tripping or am I farting? What? Was my food not red? Okay, we're just gonna ignore it. Now I gotta wash my face again. All right. My eyes are playing tricks on me. It's not real. Okay, thank goodness. Because for a second, I thought we took off our face. Why did it sound like that? Oh, nah. Oh, heck no. Why you gotta do this to... All right, guys. We're gonna speed run. Take a deep breath in and out. Oh, she's gone. Thank goodness. Okay, don't jump scare me now. I am gonna leave. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of wanted posters now.
More posters. Feels like half the street is gone. I need to be careful.
I feel like we're imagining that though. I feel like they're not actually there. Oh, now the lights are flickering. Really, buddy? I hear someone walking. I hear someone walking.
Oh, it's you again.
Does he have eyeball? Okay, yep, I'm not messing with him. That's most definitely a skinwalker. Are you a skinwalker? Why did that dude's eyes look like that? Why are your eyes like that too?
Konnichiwa. Good evening. The air is very nice tonight. Wait, you again. Your face looks wrong. Are you okay? Do I know you? You must be a stranger in this town. A stranger? I walk here every day. You must have seen me before. I don't remember. My mind is very quiet now. Good luck at work. What is wrong with you?
He's a skinwalker. That's what's wrong with him. Look at his face and his hands. Buddy, who's got a thumb that long? No one. No one normal at least. All right, let's just go straight to work before we die. I don't want no one sneaking up on me. No one tickling my behind. I don't like that, okay? It's not fun. Shady did it to me once. I told him to stop. All right, let's go. Let's go into the store, buddy. All right. I'm back for another day. Hopefully nothing weird happens tonight.
Everything is too tight. My skin, it feels like it's stretching. I can hear it.
Whoa, whoa, calm down, lady.
Are you okay? You look sick. Seriously, go home.
I don't think I have a home. Not anymore. I'm just waiting to be scanned.
What are you talking about? You're scaring me.
You're scaring us, actually. All right, well, good luck with your trauma. Let's just go grab our box. We got to do the nice little restock again. Very easy, very demure. Oh, it changed. Boom and boom. Ooh, that looks good. And let's see, where's the last restock?
Am I blardy blind?
I think I'm blardy blind. I still have one more thing to restock, but I can't find it. Oh, it's right there. I am bloody blind. Boom. All right, well, I hear walking. That guy looks normal, thank goodness. Now we got to check out customers. Hey, yo, what's up? You got a man? That was weird. What? Why are you stopping right there? Go get your food. Buddy, the groceries are that way. Don't you stop in the middle like that. You're starting to freak me out. Oh, heck no. You're going to jump scare me if I go up to you, aren't you? Sorry, I don't know why I'm looking there. Fine, fine, fine. I'll talk to you. What do you want? He's not saying anything.
You, finding everything okay? Hello, do you want to buy something or what?
Dude, this guy's just not gonna talk to us. Hey! Well, he just walked out of the store. Very interesting. I wonder if that's a sign. Maybe if he comes back in, I should know not to serve him. Those are some very fast footsteps. Oh, heck no! Oh, heck no! No! Why are those footsteps so fast?
Hi.
Oh, heck no. Why are you red?
Okay. So we just got two demons in front of me and I'm supposed to just fend them off. What kind of a job is this? Huh? Let me talk to you.
Hi.
Keep the change? Well, he is nice. No, I'm kidding. Get out my store. My God. This dude's at like double the speed.
Hi.
Okay, yeah. See, you almost copied the skin correctly, but then you forgot the eyes. It just ruined your entire presentation.
Your shape fits me better.
What? What does that mean? Go away.
Johto.
Yeah, Johto. I don't even know what that means.
Hi.
Hi. You seem normal. Just these, please. All right. Well, at least you're actually a human, I think.
Sugoi.
Yup. You again. Did you just cough in my face? Do it again. See what happens.
Oh, really?
You want to go there, buddy? Okay, I'm just going to let you out of here. Gross sounding anomalies. I hate that. I don't like it. How are you back here? I don't get it. You just got twins? Okay, and the naked dude's here again. You look normal. Sure, I'll let you through since you're a human.
Sugoi.
You're welcome. All right, now the naked dude.
Hi.
Hi. What do you have to say? Hurry up. Well, that's rude. I could refuse you for having no pants, but I guess I have to let him through.
Sugoi.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Hi. Face hurts to hold. Yep, I knew it. Get out of my face. I knew you were an anomaly. This guy over here is back for the third time. Cold tonight? Sure is, buddy. Get out my store.
Sugoi.
Yep. Oh, wait. She's new. I ain't never seen you before. Or have I? Wait a second. Don't you tell me that she copied the skin and just changed the hair. How am I supposed to know that?
Hi.
Hi. Didn't you have blonde hair before, or am I tweaking? Just these, please. Okay. All right. Oh, she was normal. Thank goodness. Buddy, you got the same shirt as her? Really? Are y'all dating? That's cute. Can I borrow your body?
No. Get out of here.
Nasty.
Got another naked dude.
All right, what do you have to say? Hurry up. Fine. There you go.
Sugoi.
Enjoy. And are we done? Oh, no, we have one more. Stop with those voices. I can tell you're an anomaly just from that. At least get the voice right. Come on.
Long night, huh?
Yeah, it's been such a long night. Your voice is basically gone, huh? What's wrong? You lose your voice? Been singing a little too much? Did I see something over there? I don't know. Let's refuse you. I know that one of them are gonna jump scare me right as I refuse them. I know for a fact it's gonna happen. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. I understand, bro. Go on ahead. I keep feeling like I'm hearing stuff. Nah, there's a skinwalker behind you. All right. Yeah, you're normal. Get out of here. The skinwalker's coming. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no.
Hi.
Buddy, you're going at double the speed. Just these, please. No.
ちょっと
I kind of like the fast ones. They're kind of easy to get rid of. And then this guy, why is this so slow? Yeah, I don't know. Go ask your mama. Get out of here. Oh, nah. That woman's got an eyeball again. She's got an eyeball again. I'm going to tell the teacher on you. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Yeah, no, you're good. The person behind you is not good. Don't you jump at me now.
Hi.
Blah. Face hurts to hold. I'm sure it does. Get out of here. Weirdo. Oh my god. And you again? What do you want? Face hurts to hold. Yeah, get out. You said the same thing as the last skinwalker. Come on now. Oh, wait. I have the mop. How would I get the mop? I guess we just finished all the customers. Oh. I don't think that's a good thing. Now it's all blood. I don't like that at all. It was dirt before. Now it's blood? Who's leaving blood? Or is it ketchup? Let me taste. I'm not going to answer that. All right. Well, we cleaned up all the blood. There you go. Finally, time to head home and sleep until the next shift. Let's do that. I can tell what's going on, guys. It's getting worse and worse every night. And I'm probably gonna die on night 4, aren't I? Trash bags? And blood on my note? Very interesting. This is very interesting.
No, not again. Wake up. Just wake up.
What? Wait, am I dreaming? Be the shape, don't be late? What? That's supposed to say don't be late. What's be the shape?
My neighbor from downstairs is a lifesaver. She got me a shift at the mart starting tonight. She told me I'm hopeless with time, so she even bought me this alarm clock. She even left a sticky note on it so I'm not late.
Huh. I was probably supposed to read that in the beginning, wasn't I? Okay. Wait, read all the notes. That was only 1 out of 4? So do I just live in the nether? Why is the sky red? There's another note out here too.
Am I even me? Is the real me still in here? Tonight I have to act normal. I have to go to work, scan the items, and smile. If I act human enough, maybe they won't realize I know. I just have to get through the shift.
Yeah, I think I might have skipped ahead a couple notes. So are you saying that we are actually a skinwalker? No, it can't be. This is just a nightmare.
This is my handwriting, but I didn't write this.
Wait, so you're saying a skinwalker took my skin and is pretending to be me right now? Where's the other 2 notes? I'm not seeing other 2 notes. Oh, here we go.
It's not just her. I saw a guy at the station today whose jaw was hanging at a wrong angle. They're everywhere. They're walking, talking, and wearing our skin, but they aren't us. They're just blending in. I think they're watching me because I noticed.
Huh. I can't turn on the lights to find the last note. Oh, it's in my fridge.
Of course. I tried to thank her for the job today. She didn't even blink. When she finally turned around, her face, it wasn't skin anymore. It looked raw, like wet meat left out in the sun. No eyelids, no lips, just red muscle. Maybe I'm just tired.
Oh, God. Why does my TV keep turning on? Go outside? I'm not going outside. I didn't open that door. Turn off. I don't want to go. Okay, no one's out here. Dude, I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this so much. Are you kidding me?
Don't look at me like that. Are you real?
Huh? Are you? Or is this a nightmare? Oh, heck no. I got demons stalking me, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Why is there blood on the ground? Oh. Oh! Oh, heck no. Yo, you gotta help me. Oh my god, he's cooked too. He's cooked too. Why are you following me? Why are you following me? Don't jump scare me. Yeah. I don't like. I'm out of sprint. I'm out of sprint. I'm out of sprint. I'm out of sprint. Whoa. Oh, heck no. Yo, get me my sprint back, buddy. Yeah. How am I running out of sprint? Ah! I ran out of sprint, bro. Okay, this time we're not looking back. We're not looking back, Cash. We're not looking back. Just run, just run, just run, just run. I swear if my sprint keeps running out on me again, I just need to, okay, we just need to let it cool, go back up. Yes, and now we run again. Run again. Run again. Yes, go straight into the store. Go straight into the store. Go straight into the store. She's right behind me. She's right behind me. Ah!
Ha 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 ha. That's right. Oh god. The entire gas station is red now. And it's a guy.
Hey, what happened to the last girl? You is not my coworker, buddy.
You're late. It's okay. I already started for you.
Me? That's me?
What is this? Why do you have my face? Don't worry. I'll take it from here. The shape fits me perfectly. Go to sleep. No, stop it. That's my body. Give it back. Why? I do a better job than you anyway. I don't forget the shelves. I don't miss the dirt.
Hey, okay, if you're at least gonna take my body, don't insult the way I do my work. I do a great job.
That's not... I was just tired. Are you sure you want to be you again? Everyone likes me more. You're not me. You're nothing.
Oh my... Huh? What? Am I playing as the Skinwalker right now? I'm confused. I feel like I am. That box just made a sound that sounded fleshy. I don't want to restock these shelves. Why does it make that sound? It sounds gooey. Listen.
Nasty. Gross.
Ugh. What's about to walk in through those doors? Do I even want to know? Okay, bro. I don't like those kind of people. No.
Hi.
I don't even need to chat with you. I know. Yeah, get out of here. I see your forehead. Oh my god. The voice. Yeah, long night. True.
Get out of here.
Dude, are all these people just gonna be anomalies?
Hi.
Oh, sorry, I'm in a hurry. Wait, this guy's actually normal. All right. Why are you in this nightmare with me? What do you say? Long night. All right, you're normal. Can I borrow your body? Why, is that one not good enough for you? Huh? Get out of here. Loser. Oh my god, I just saw something. There's somebody that's like, okay, what are you doing? You are way too fast to be... Slow your roll, buddy. You just cut that woman in line. Oh, never mind. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. I have never seen this woman before, have I? Very interesting. I'll let you go. Yeah, no. You are a Skinwalker. Get out of here. Go away. Okay, I think this guy's normal, but the girl behind him is not. Okay. Get your deep voice out of here, buddy. Go away. What you waiting for? Come up to the desk, buddy. Oh.
Hi.
So you just managed to get a haircut now, didn't ya? Just these, please. I guess we just got new characters. Right? Okay. Okay, this girl is normal, but she's got a twin sister right behind her. I don't know if I trust that. Coltonite. Wait, she seems human. I think. Okay. Oh, we got a fast walker over there. Okay, buddy. Hello. Face hurts to hold. I'm sure it does. Get out of here. And you are way too fast. Slow your roll, buddy. I don't care if you're in a hurry. Go away. What are you doing still Okay. Yo, your voice just gives it away, dude. Go away. Why do you make that sound? Oh, well, I guess I'm done with all the customers, but you want me to mop more blood off the ground? It's okay. I actually like this part. You know, it's just too easy. Satisfaction at its finest. I could listen to music while I'm doing this. Oh, yeah. And the last two spots. Leading me right to my death, isn't it? Guess not. I did everything right. Why won't this end? Wait, what? You're saying the nightmare? What just happened? Huh? What? Hey, I'm supposed to wake up and it's supposed to be night 5. What do you mean go home? It says go home. I don't want to go home. I want to wake up already home. I do not want to walk home, bro. Something's going to tickle my butt. Probably going to be that guy. Hey, if you don't mind, I'm going to go the opposite way. What? Well, I can't go this way. So, looks like I got to go straight into this demon. Guys, just don't look at him. Just don't look at him. Just don't look at him. We're just going to look. We're just going to look straight down. Straight down. Life is hard, isn't it? Work builds people. It never ends.
What are you?
You don't have to do this anymore. No more shifts. No more fear. Just sleep.
You want me to just give up?
Give me your body. Let me take your shape. You can finally rest.
Guys, do I do it?
No, obviously not. Give your shape. Yes or no?
Heck no, bruh.
I ain't giving no demon my body, okay? I can deal with my own life problems. Thanks. No.
Whoa, 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 I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, but I actually did mean it. Get me out of here. Go away. Go away. Hey, he's still on me. Why are you still on me? Why are you still on me? You're nasty. Go away. Go away, please. Please. Oh my god, why are you... What's happening to the ground? Hey, no, there's another one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not running out of breath, though. I'm not running out of breath. Yes.
I see the light. Oh my god. Did I do it? Am I alive? Please. What? Who is that? Was she my wife the entire time? Oh, right. Oh, I'm still at work. She's just my coworker. Okay. Hey, you finally awake?
Ugh, my head hurts. What time is it?
Time for you to go home. Your shift's been over for a while.
I must have fallen asleep. Sorry.
Whatever. Just get some real sleep.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Wait, but I just did this. Oh my god, it's daytime outside though. Good luck with your morning shift. That night shift was incredibly hard. At least we're not in a nightmare anymore and we can... Oh, heck no. I am not being followed right now. I'm trying to go home. I just dealt with a nightmare, okay?
You got a problem? Why are you staring? Nothing, sorry. Keep moving, kid. I don't have anything for you. Yeah, my bad.
Okay, well, that's actually normal from him. He was yelling at me in the beginning, so it's good to know that I'm probably not in a nightmare anymore. Just go upstairs, buddy. Just go upstairs. Just go upstairs. Yep. Okay, no one's in my house. I thought I was gonna open my front door and see someone. Ah! Ending A. So the nightmares are finally over, and that's the game, human-shaped. Wow, we did it. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of curious. What would have happened if we actually gave that demon our skin? We're gonna leave this nightmare and then go talk to this guy again. And I'm actually gonna give you my skin. So here we go. He's saying, give me your body, let me take your shape. And this time, we're gonna click yes. What? Ew! Okay. What is this, purple guy from Five Nights at Freddy's? All right, well, there's ending B. Guys, that was a really good game. It's called Human Shaped if you want to check it out for yourself. Board Leviathan, this was the developer. If you guys want to see more scary content like this, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Today, I played Uno against my friends, but for some reason, they all started to hate me after I won. So while they were all targeting me, my goal was to try and still win by removing all the cards from my deck. We said that the first person to reach 3 wins gets all the marbles in the end. Are y'all ready to play some Uno with me?
Yeah, but you're going down.
What do you mean I'm going down?
We're gonna destroy you, Cash.
You guys are already making enemies.
Yep, you are the enemy.
Well, you don't know that I'm the GOAT at Uno. I could take a 3v1. It doesn't matter. Oh, slap.
Really? Oh.
I forgot that every time there's a 6 on the board, you have to slap. Okay. I'm just gonna play very passive for now. I'm not fighting anyone. But just so you know, if you try and attack me, I will defend. Okay, which one do I want to go? I want to go with this card. Boom. Oh, yeah. Switching it to yellow. Now it's blue. Really?
Yeah.
Peanut, you can't even attack me from here. Oh, nah. You put a +2 down. +4, +6. What is that?
Oh, no. This is not looking good.
+11. Yo, Peanut, that just backfired on you.
I'm gonna get you back.
I don't know if that was a smart choice. Okay, I can go 4 here.
Got you? Oh, I know. I don't got you. I don't like you.
Oh, thank you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this.
Why on me, really?
Mwah,
Yes, Martin. You guys have so many cards.
So you hate me.
I don't hate you. I'm just defending myself, okay?
Okay, I see how it is.
Okay. I'm gonna take a card.
I forgive you, but I don't.
I'm not gonna lie. I put green down because I thought y'all would switch it on me, but it didn't work.
Nah.
I didn't actually have a green. Oh, what is that?
Oh, you thought?
Almost. I almost got you. No, I don't have a card.
See ya. GG's.
Oh, gosh. Nico just won? No, how?
Let's go!
I got second. Oh, he clutched up.
The first game goes to Nico.
Okay, now Nico has 1 point and the rest of us have 0, so we gotta catch up.
Let me lock in.
Lock in, Zoe. You're the first one. Okay. I actually don't have any pink cards. Wow. This is crazy. I already have to draw.
Let's see. I don't want to talk about it.
You didn't have any either, did you?
No.
Oh, nah. Oh, slap. Oh, my goodness. I completely forgot about that. You gotta do it every time there's a 6. Oh, my goodness.
Are you serious?
Yo, Nico was late that time. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll play this. Yeah. Zoe.
What? I pressed it.
I don't know if you did. You were the last one. Oh.
Yeah. No! The one time I didn't press it.
Mwahaha, you must learn, Zoe.
Okay, they hate me.
You will learn the lesson over and over.
I don't want to learn it.
Hey, don't hit me with that. I'm gonna do one of these. Boom.
What?
Yo, that is just messed up.
I'm the menace. Nobody can mess with me ever.
Yeah, I can.
Aw, really? Okay, Zoe.
+2.
Why you +2-ing?
Oh, yeah.
+4, +6, +11.
Are you serious? No. I already... Guys, come on, guys.
Oh my goodness. Nico has 25 cards.
Guys.
Yo, poor guy.
I got a catalog right now.
Yeah, and you don't get to go.
Again? I got nothing.
Yo, I'm bullying Nico. All right, I'll let you go.
No, Cash, I'm gonna throw it right back at you, bro.
No, don't do that. Do not do that.
Thank you.
I'm honestly kind of scared of Nico. Really? Are you serious right now? What if I skip Nico again? Is that messed up? It's kind of messed up.
Yes, I have no yellow.
I got 23 cards, dude.
Zoe keeps skipping me.
Yeah, because I'm petty.
Wait. Please don't tell me you guys have +2s or anything.
Oh, no.
Thank goodness.
But I'll do this again.
What? How do you have so many of those?
I don't know.
I don't understand. Okay, I see how it is. Wait, you make me go again? I don't have a card. I can make you go again.
No.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Number that.
Okay, Peanut. Did you... I thought I was about to get +4'd. I'll play it. Boom. Really? Really, bruh?
Go again.
Okay, fine. I got another card.
Ba-bow-ba.
No. Why you do this? Why you do it?
Oh, no.
Okay, at least I got these cards.
Martin?
Don't get me. No.
Why'd you make it blue?
You know what? Yeah.
Okay, why is this turning around on me? Nico's catching up in cards. I don't like this.
Oh.
Oh, Peanut.
See ya, Peanut. Oh, guys, watch Zoe.
Don't watch Zoe.
Yeah, Zoe's getting close. We can't let her win this.
Yeah.
Yes, +2 her. Perfect.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she got something good from that. I don't like the sound of that. I should have kept that, honestly.
Dude, like, Cash always skipping me, bro.
Yeah, that was kind of messed up. But now we know he doesn't have any +2s or +4s.
That is true.
Interesting, Nico. 16 cards, but no +2s? You would have used one. Yeah, green.
I already used all mine.
In a way.
There ain't no way, boy.
One more time.
What?
Oh, gosh. No, my turn keeps getting skipped.
Oh, man.
Zoe, it looks like you're falling behind.
No, I'm not.
Wait, never mind. She's at 3. I thought I was catching up, but I was wrong.
I'm just doing my own thing right now.
Okay, are you ready for this? It's just a 9.
Oh.
Y'all got ready to slap.
Yeah.
Okay, 4. Oh,
No.
Zoe's not in time, ever.
I don't want to play this one thing.
Oh, man.
She got a wild card.
You have a special card, don't you? No. Oh, why?
Why you do this?
I just want to be left alone so I can win. Okay, it's still yellow. Oh, she's forcing it to pink. Fine. She really wants to be pink. We gotta switch it off.
Die.
Yo. I think she's used like 6 skips on me this game. This is messed up.
Die.
Why? What did I do?
Got you.
All right, someone reverse it.
Okay.
Oh, she doesn't have it.
I used my wild card, bro. I totally don't have another.
What?
Ooh.
Don't.
She doesn't. She does not have another. Go again, Zoe.
I don't. Okay, be like that.
No.
Poor Peanut.
How dare you?
You made the peanut sad.
That was your fault. That's not my fault.
Official. Mwah.
Nah, bruh.
Yes, Martin.
I don't have it.
Oh, I gonna win.
Guys, I don't have any reverse.
Reverse it and make it green.
I don't have anything. Does he not have a green?
Pop it.
You don't know what I have. You don't know what I have.
Which one? What?
Green. Why not?
Green. Okay, YOLO. Might be a wild card.
Y'all say green? Oh, I did it.
That was a good one.
Let's go. Now I have 1 point and Nico has 1 point. Zoe and Peanut gotta catch up. Okay, it's time to see who's gonna be victorious. If I can get another dub here, I think I got it locked in.
Same.
Oh, this is easy.
What? Do it.
Wait, okay. We're already doing this, guys, and I didn't want to have to do this. I did not want to have to do this, Zoe.
I really didn't want to do this, Peanut.
Why me? No.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no.
Plus 16 in the beginning? That is crazy.
Ooh.
Aw, he hit me with the double take. Okay, I can't even be mad. You know, he knew my weakness and he took advantage.
Yeah.
Okay, 7.
Yeah.
That's my line.
Go again.
What?
Zoe was skipping me all game, so now it's my goal to skip. Okay.
Let's match that energy.
Oh gosh. No, she's gonna do it again. Flip it, reverse it.
No, I don't have it. You're lucky.
Flip it and reverse it. Oh my.
Oh, Nico. I thought you was locked.
I only have 3.
Wait, yeah, Zoe has 3.
I don't know how I have 3. I don't know.
Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. We gotta make sure we focus her.
I don't like that one teensy bit.
Oh, I don't know.
What?
Oh, Peanut. Oh, nah.
In a way.
No, again. We do it again.
No.
Sorry, Peanut. We gotta stop bullying him.
No. Wow.
No, she has another +2, right? Oh, okay, good. We're tied, Zoe.
No, we're not.
Wait, Nico's ahead now.
No.
Hold on.
Why do you let him do this?
It wasn't me. It's not my fault.
Yo, watch out for Cash, though.
What do you mean? Don't watch out for me. Nico's got less cards. You see, it's sometimes a bad spot to have no cards because then you can't play anything. Boom.
Okay, Martin.
Zoe, I swear. I literally was going to say, I swear if you skip me. And you did. Aww.
Yay.
Aww, man. I was scratching my nose again.
Mwah.
No.
Zoe, you gotta not fall behind. Go again.
I'm not trying to.
Go again. I don't want Nico to go. Oh. Oh, Nico's about to go. He's got 3 cards. Watch out. He's got 2 cards. Don't let him win.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, nah.
Yeah, let's switch it up.
No, switch it back to green, please.
Why would you do that?
Because Nico doesn't have green.
Oh, he doesn't?
I think.
Oh gosh, I'm trying to think.
I don't know. Maybe he does have a green. Oh, he used his +4.
This is a fumble move.
Yo, that's messed up. Oh, well, maybe it's not messed up.
Dude, why you taking the cards to me?
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh.
Why'd you make it blue? Nico might win.
Yeah. Oh, that was a close one.
No, I tried to surprise you guys. Okay, Nico doesn't have a blue. Keep that in mind.
Go again.
Yeah, go again. Oh, oh.
Oh.
You almost forgot to call it. You lucky duck.
No.
Okay, Peanut put a 4 down. Zoe's +2 and me. I will +2 Nico and give him 4 cards. And now I'm ahead.
Good, good, good.
I got 1 card left.
Wait, make it red, make it red, make it red. Actually, I'm good.
There is no red, Zoe. There's pink.
No. He definitely has wad.
No.
Let's go.
It's okay, I got this.
No, why you skip me?
Guys, what do we do?
You don't have to freak out.
You can keep it red, you can keep it red, you can keep it red.
Okay.
Oh, Martins. No, no.
Okay, make it yellow, make it yellow.
Zoe, stop. Stop.
You got a 4 in a yellow or 3 in a yellow?
I need yellow and blue, I need yellow and blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
Make it blue, make it blue.
I don't got any of that. Yeah, okay.
Wait, make it blue? Why are you doing this?
Good.
Nice. Okay, what next?
You guys are bullying.
I have yellow.
Do you guys hate me? Be real.
Not really.
Be real.
Dude, I can't do anything with this.
Come on, 5 of yellow. 5 of yellow, come on.
Looks like you're gonna have to draw it. No.
Wait, did he have yellow?
If he has it, I'm gonna go crazy.
Mwah. Thank you, Zoe, for my second win.
Let's go. And now I got 2 wins under my belt. You see, I've been trying to tell y'all, I always come out on top, but you never want to listen.
Yum, 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 yum.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, really? You want to make fun of me, Peanut? I skip you.
What? Oh, no.
Oh, and Zoe gets skipped.
Why'd you let him have another game?
And then Peanut gets +2.
What?
Mwah.
Maybe I shouldn't use him that early on, though. Could have been a bad move. Yeah, I put a 9 down.
Go again.
You want to keep it green? Okay, I'll go again, but I'm just going to +2 Zoe this time.
Oh, you know what? Match that energy.
Oh, +4?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
You know what? Match that energy.
No!
Yo, he's getting +8.
Why did I do that?
Sorry, Peanut. That was kind of messed up, honestly.
Peanut, I thought you had something.
Sorry, Zoe. I'm gonna skip you. And she gets +2.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Why am I a little scared now? I feel like I need to lock my doors. Oh, Peanut.
You should. I have the key.
No.
Yes.
Don't do this to me, Zoe. Don't do this to me, Zoe.
Don't you do that to me again!
Okay.
Really?
Now, Zoe and the Peanut both are in horrible spots. No, don't reverse it. Now Zoe can do it. Okay, thank you.
No! Reverse it!
No, I don't like that.
You're lucky I don't have anything in this color.
Oh, thank goodness I have this, though. Wait, let me choose it. Boom.
Someone make it red.
Good, good, good.
Oh, no. Wait, she has something in red.
Keep it red. Keep it red.
No! Ouchie. That hurts.
Yeah. You like that?
I don't.
You like that?
Not even a little.
I don't care.
Wait, Peanut. Don't give it to him like this.
I don't care.
And it looks like...
Wow.
What's so funny?
Oh, he has no reds.
No reds. Oh, but Zoe gets +2.
See ya, Zoe.
Bro, I didn't have my key bind.
Nah. Give me another card. I can't use my stuff yet. Not until I'm in trouble. Oh, really?
Yeah, no.
Okay, I feel personally attacked now.
You should.
This is messed up.
You gave me 9 cards.
She's using everything she got on me. Go ahead, Peanut.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, no. Nico has 1 card left.
I'm scared. I'm keeping it there.
Yo, it might be blue, so you might have to switch this, Peanut.
I don't have it.
Oh, why'd you make it blue?
I don't know. I thought Peanut was going to switch it for me. I had no other card to play. Now we both have 2 points. You know, I'm just happy that neither Zoe or the Peanut has a point yet.
No.
Can I just say that? I'm happy about it. And I get to go first.
No. Why are you preying on my downfall, bro?
Only a little bit because you scare me. Oh, Nico got +2 off the bat.
Turn it around, guys.
Don't you +2 me. I will +2 Zoe.
No.
Really?
And make it green.
No.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, Nico's getting all the cards this time.
Straight face.
Straight face. He's mad.
You skipped me? Why? I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did.
I did nothing. Go again, Peanut.
I have no green.
It's good. Oh, Zoe, are you gonna +2 me? Oh, thank goodness.
I will.
No.
Just no, I will.
Can we switch it?
No, 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 no.
Please.
No, no, no. Just you wait.
I'm scared. I don't like this position I'm in.
Just you wait, your little head. No green. No, this is the perfect position.
No, Zoe's actually in first place now. We gotta target her, guys.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
I have no greens.
No, let's keep it like this. Let's keep it on 4.
No, don't keep it on 4.
Keep it on 4. Keep it.
Oh.
Good, good, good.
Oh, no. That is so bad.
I like this. I like this a lot.
Good, good, good.
Good, good.
Okay, this time I have a +2 to defend myself. So, yeah.
No! Why would you do that to the peanut? You're toxic.
Mwahaha.
You're the problem, bro.
There ain't no way, boy. Oh, what? Oh, my goodness. Don't you dare, Zoe. All I have is a 0.
No, you're safe for now. You're safe.
This is all I got to my name. Please. Oh, yeah. Nah. Nico didn't slap in time.
Can someone reverse it after I do? Aw, you hate me. You hate me.
Oh, Zoe didn't slap in time.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, I'm gonna put this down.
Nico, I'm sorry.
Nah, Peanut skipped you again.
Can someone reverse it real quick for me too?
Oh, yeah, I got you, Zoe. Don't worry.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, okay. He got it.
Oh, I don't have that.
Oh, it's okay. I got you, Zoe. No. Oh, and Nico didn't slap again. Nah, you gotta lock in. Oh. Oh my goodness.
One more time. One more time.
Someone put another 6 down. Oh, nah.
No!
Oh, it was Zoe that time. It's because we're all spamming it. I'm not letting anyone take it from me. Wait a second. Do I have anything good? I could do this.
Wait.
Boom.
Why would you make it red?
That's not red. That's like pink.
It's red. That's red.
That's like hot pink to me.
Dude, that's red.
Is it red for y'all? Be real.
Sort of. It's pink.
Yeah, it's pink to me. I'm not seeing any red. Oh, thank you.
Really? I just changed it and you guys put it back? We're back in the building.
Zoe, even though you're bullying me, I'm still gonna win this.
No!
I'm still gonna win.
You Peanut, you got a +2 on your end? You got a +2?
No.
Peanut, you fumbler.
What do you mean?
Leave him alone. Oh. Just kidding.
Nah. I knew it.
But I can't play this. Oh, official. Oh my goodness.
Guys, keep it on pink. Guys, what are you doing?
What? I need to get my cards down, bro.
I am too.
You Martins. Oh, you just +4 the peanut?
No, nah.
And you made it pink? Okay, Sigma.
He died.
Just kidding. I don't have anything. Don't worry.
That's what I thought.
Don't worry.
All right, Peanut, you got this.
No, I do not.
I'm still ahead. I have 2.
He does not got it.
Ah, yeah. I +2 you.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Why'd you make it that?
Oh. Just kidding. Official.
Turn it around right now. Turn it around.
No, do not turn it around.
I don't have anything to pick. Turn it around.
I don't like this. Zoe wants it to be turned around.
Turn it around, turn it around.
Oh my goodness. I don't like the position I'm in.
Turn it around, guys. Yes.
No, no, no. I knew it. Why you do this?
Yes.
Why you do it to me?
This is what you get.
What did I do to you? Oh, I'm goated.
Dude, I pressed it and then I misclicked and pressed W.
Nah.
Oh, nah.
All right, I'm gonna play this. I don't want to skip the peanut. I could have though.
Thank you. What?
Oh, poor peanut.
I know you're spamming.
I am spamming.
I know you're spamming.
I'm gonna keep that card.
No.
Oh, Zoe, you're not spamming.
I'm not spamming because I'm just a girl.
Girls can't spam the S key.
I'm trying to do my makeup while I'm doing this, bro.
Wait, how did Nico get official but he has 3 cards?
Don't worry about it.
I don't know.
Reversey.
What?
My turn.
Bruh.
Okay, Nico's at 4. I think this is doable. I can win.
Nico doesn't have blue?
Bro don't got blue?
It didn't look like it.
Uh-oh. Sigma. I'm gonna skip Zoe.
Oh, yeah.
Reverse it. Oh, no. I didn't actually mean it. I was kidding.
Good. I have a +2 waiting for you.
I was kidding. I didn't mean actually reverse it.
Let me have this. Let me have this. Let me have this.
No, let me have this.
No, put it back.
I don't like the color yellow, Zoe.
Oh.
Put it back to yellow.
Let's all be friends here. Come on.
I'll make it red, as you say.
Oh.
I like the color red.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, Peanut's at 1 card. Now he's at 3.
Ain't no way.
Sorry, Peanut.
That was kind of messed up. All right, official time.
Make it yellow. Make it yellow real quick. Make it yellow.
No, do not make it yellow.
Ah, Zoe, I don't have none of that. I'm sorry, Zoe.
Oh, you got caught.
Why did I click official?
Are you guys ready for my perfect victory?
No.
No.
I had another +4. Yes!
Ain't no way.
I break through the chains. Yes. And guess what? That means I have 3 wins. So I secure the ultimate victory.
That's it. I'm deleting your channel.
Wait, what?
Where's the password again? Oh, there it is. Okay.
What?
3, 2, 1, boom!